Hey, Boynie, I need to talk to you.
Not right now, Karen. I bootleg downloaded the movie Twisters from a shady website. Movie theaters are just too expensive these days.
Oh, well, is it any good?
Well, the quality's just okay. The guy who recorded it is eating his popcorn really loud, and he put his own watermark all over it. But it's just so scary. There's just so many tornadoes.
Boynie, you know those aren't real tornadoes, right?
Yeah, right, Karen. You're telling me that's fake? No way. They don't have that kind of technology.
Boynie, listen, can you please pause your movie so I can talk to you?
Pause Twisters? What if I miss something, like another tornado?
Boynie, there's probably gonna be more tornadoes.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, make it quick.
Well, Boynie, the other night I cheated.
What, cheated? What do you mean you cheated?
I cheated, Boynie!
What, Karen, you cheated? How could you do this to me?
I'm sorry, Boynie, I just can't help myself. It's so easy.
Well, is this the first time you've done something like this?
No, Boynie, I cheat every chance I get, every time you leave the room.
Oh, who have you even cheated with?
Well, there was one time with your brother Jonathan, but it was his idea.
You cheated with Jonathan?
I did, Boynie.
Karen, you're a serial cheater? I feel so dirty. I'm leaving you, Karen. I'm leaving you.
Why, Boynie? Why?
Why? Why am I leaving, Karen? Because you cheated on me. Because you're a lying, cheating whore. Lying, cheating, whore.
Oh, I never should have told him, but I didn't know he'd act this way.
Jeffy, stop smelling those markers. It's gonna make you high.
Why, so I can be like you?
Well, I'm not high, Jeffy.
Marvin, he can smell those markers. They're scented markers.
Yeah, Daddy, I'm smelling some fluffernutter right now.
That sounds like a bad word.
I bent her over and stuck it right in her fluffernutter.
Jeffy, don't say that. There's someone at the door. Hello?
Hey there, Marvin. I just happened to be in the neighborhood and thought I'd drop by before I killed myself.
But what's going on, buddy? You don't look so good.
Oh, I don't? Oh, I'm sorry. I guess maybe you've just never seen the face of a guy whose wife is a cheating bitch. That's it. That's the face. It's me.
Wait, your wife cheated on you?
What gave you that idea?
Well, you said...
Yes, she did. She's a cheating bitch. Apparently, she cheated multiple times. Every time I was out of the room, apparently, just all the time. You know, I never checked the closet, so I guess that's where she was keeping them.
Oh, okay.
Like brooms.
Well, how'd you catch her being a cheater?
Oh, I walked into the room and she was eating a pumpkin.
What?
Never mind, she's a cheating bitch. She cheated on me with my own bro.
What, your own brother?
Yes. Ugh.
What, do you want to come inside?
I bet that's what she asked them. You know what? I bet she didn't even have to. I bet they already knew they could. That's her kink.
Oh, listen, come inside, buddy. Let's just talk about this.
Hey, Daddy, look, I'm a unicorn.
Jeffy, stop it. Go to your room. We have to talk about adult things.
All right, Daddy. Well, I'm gonna go to my room and use my markers to color my butthole to look like the LGBTQ flag, and it's gonna smell fruity.
Marvin, what's wrong with your friend?
His wife cheated on him.
Oh, that's so sad.
Hey, you guys talking about me? Because that would be fucked up. It's pretty messed up to make fun of a crying man.
Hey, what can we do to make you happy, buddy?
Well, you could build a time machine and send me back to before the plane hit the tower so I could stand on top of them and die.
What? No, buddy, I thought you were going to say send you back before your wife cheated on you.
Oh no, who knows when that started? She was probably doing that before she even met me.
Wait, don't you cheat on your wife all the time?
Oh, here we go. Yes, I do. But I can do that because I'm the man. I work, I pay the bills, so I can do that. It's like a tax.
Wait, what? Isn't that the problem, though? Maybe that's why she cheated.
Marvin, are you sure your wife's not cheating on you? Because that is cheater talk. You should smell her breath and make sure it doesn't smell like pumpkin.
Listen, buddy, look, just calm down. What can we do to get you distracted from your wife cheating on you?
You're right, Marvin. I should cheat on my wife to get back at her.
That's not what I
But you
said.
already cheat on your wife!
No, this time it'll be different because it's gonna be for revenge. Like Japan, they blew up a couple of ships at Pearl Harbor, so we dropped 2 nukes on their asses. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bang 2 hot bitches. Come on, Marvin, to the strip club.
Marvin, no!
Marvin, to my car.
But you can't drive, you've been drinking.
I'm not gonna drive. You're gonna drive. Wink, wink.
I gotta go with him.
Marvin, please, no!
I gotta make sure he doesn't drive drunk.
Okay.
Oh no, you're not driving. Give me your keys.
Oh, you want my keys, huh? Okay, there you go.
Yeah, you're not driving.
It's push to start, you fucking idiot. It's a Hyundai Sonata.
Oh, no, don't drive! Don't drive!
Whee!
No, stop!
The best part about working the night shift alone is you get all the donuts. Oh, Winkin' Wallaby, is that a drunk driver? I'm gonna go get him.
Oh my God, the cops are behind us.
The cops? I'm a cop. If I just let them know, they'll let us go.
Oh God, thank God you're stopping.
Just let me do all the talking.
Excuse me, sir, you were swerving. Oh, hey, mate.
Simmons! It's my partner Simmons! Marvin, we are good. We are good. Simmons is gonna let me drive drunk, aren't you, Simmons?
Actually, mate, I can't do that.
Why not?
Well, because my body cam's on.
You fucking idiot. You're supposed to turn it off.
Well, they don't let us do that anymore, mate.
I just put a sticker over mine.
How many beers have you had tonight?
This is my 6th one. Here, you want a sip?
No, mate, you know I'm working. I can't drink on the job. Plus, I'm already 6 donuts deep. I got donuts in my car. You want one?
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Marvin, you want a donut? Marvin doesn't, but I do.
All right, mate, give me 1 second.
Put it right in my mouth.
There you are.
Oh, shit. I'm too drunk to eat donuts.
All right, mate, well, I'm gonna have to do a sobriety test for you, so I'm gonna need you to get out of the car.
Simmons, I already told you I'm drunk. I don't have to prove it. God, you are the worst cop ever.
All right, mate, well, I'm gonna have to turn you in, so come on, get out of the vehicle.
Okay, I will get out, but first you have to give me a hug.
All right.
Stupid pig!
What? You just tasered a cop!
Strip club, Marvin, titties!
What?
Titties, Marvin, titties! Oh, look at that, Marvin. Titties!
I don't want to be here. Let's leave.
Come on, Marvin, my wife cheated on me.
And you tasered a cop. You're probably wanted.
I don't care, Marvin. I have nothing left to live for. Like, watch this. Hey ho!
What?
Come here.
Yeah?
Let me grab that. Oh, wow, those are nice.
Hey, you have to pay for that.
Oh, okay, here you go. There you go.
Oh my God, yeah!
Enjoy it, it's my life savings.
Hey, no touching the ladies.
The fuck? Hey, buddy, you better get out of my face before my friend Marvin kicks your ass.
Oh, I'd like to see him try.
Kick his ass, Marvin.
Oh no, I'm not. I don't want to kick
No,
him.
kick his ass. You could do it. Punch him right in the nose. He's got a weak sinus cavity. I can tell. It's like punching a shark. It'll just knock him right out.
Yeah, punch me in the nose.
See, he wants you to do a punch him, Marvin.
I'm not punching him.
Quit being a bitch and punch him.
Okay. Oh my God, he broke my wrist. He broke my wrist.
Marvin, what, you think you're the equalizer? You're not Denzel Washington.
You guys need to go.
Oh, you still want us to leave?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just finish my beer. See what I tell you, Marvin? I knocked his ass out with my beer bottle, and it didn't even break. How do they do it in movies?
I think he broke my wrist. I need to go to the hospital.
Oh, okay, hold on. Hey, girl,
What?
come back to my house. I want you to meet my wife.
Give me money.
Oh, okay, fine. Here you go. Yeah, see?
Ooh.
This is what you want?
Yeah.
I got all the power. Come on.
Marvin, what happened to your hand?
He broke it because he thought he was the equalizer.
No, you told me to punch that guy in the face.
Wait, where have you guys been?
The strip club!
Marvin, how could you?
I was trying to stop him from drinking and driving, and then he tasered a cop.
And tell her what else I did.
And then we went to the strip club, and then he met this stripper, and he took her on a shopping spree and bought her whatever she wanted, and then he went to the bank and gave her his life savings.
Why would you give that whore all your money?
Oh, damn. I am so sorry. She actually prefers the term hoe. It's more respectful.
He saved me from a ditch, and now I'm a classy ass bitch. Why would you give that hoe all your money?
Oh, easy. See, my wife cheated on me, so at the end of the day, I'm planning on, yeah, can't take it with me, right? So I think I'm maybe gonna run into a train, just make it nice and quick. And by the way, don't fucking do that. If you were gonna do that because of this scene, you have bigger problems and you should probably get some help. I shouldn't have to tell you that. And now you can get some help with today's sponsor, me telling you not to fucking do that. And also Gamer Subs, I guess.
Listen, buddy, I know your wife cheated on you, but you don't...
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I forgot for a second.
Listen, man, you can just take the money away from her. Like, you can take all that stuff back and get your money back.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna do that. Marvin, stop. You're scaring her.
Listen, you're just
Look,
doing a
it
lot of...
squeezed me, but I'm gonna go brag to my wife that I have a new hotter wife and no money.
Oh, man, he's ruining his life.
I can't believe you told him we cheated.
I had to tell him the truth. It was killing me.
Hey, lovebirds.
Boiny?
What it is, I just wanted to introduce you to my new girl. What is her name?
Angel dust.
This is Veronica. She's definitely not a stripper, and I gave her our entire life savings.
Boiny, you're cheating on me?
Yeah, I guess you're not the only one who likes to eat pumpkin, huh? Oh, come here, pumpkin.
Boiny, what are you talking about?
Well, you cheated on me, so I cheated on you.
Boiny, I didn't cheat on you. I cheated.
Well, tomato, tomato. You're still banging other guys. It doesn't matter what you call it.
No, Boiny, think. What were we doing the other night?
Well, apparently you were banging my brother while I was watching TV.
I wish!
No, Boiny, we were playing board games.
And?
I cheated at board games.
Wait. Explain.
Well, Boiny, remember when we were playing Guess Who? Well, there was a mirror behind you, so I could see who your person was, and I was able to guess who it was by looking at the reflection. And then we played Monopoly, and I was the banker, so I kept stealing money from the bank when you weren't looking. Then we were playing Uno with Jonathan, and he gave me a bunch of draw 4 cards under the table so we could make you keep drawing cards all game long.
Damn it, I knew there was no way you had that many draw 4s.
It was so funny, Boiny, because you had like 50 cards and you kept having to draw 4 more.
And you just kept buying up all those properties in Monopoly?
Boiny, honey, I didn't buy those properties.
Oh, God damn it, I just thought you were really good at guessing who.
No.
Well, I did a lot to screw up my life.
It's okay, Boiny. I still love you.
No, you don't understand, Karen. I tased a cop, I hit this really scary bodyguard guy, I gave our entire life savings to this stripper. See, I thought I was gonna get hit by a train later, and now I still want to.
It's okay, Boiny. You'll earn your money back. And when you do, can I go shopping?
Sure, if the train doesn't kill me.
Come on, Boiny. Let's go play board games.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Karen. We can set up the board right in front of the train.
I'm so sick.
Marvin, I got you chicken noodle soup, your favorite.
G is for gay.
What?
I'm reading my gay BC so I can be woke, and G is for gay.
Marvin, come eat your soup.
What, you're eating it with a fork?
They didn't give me a spoon.
Well, go back and get a spoon.
I'm not going to get a spoon. Just eat it quickly. Look.
L is for lesbian,
Jeffy, read it quietly.
and K is for Kiki. I guess they like cats.
Marvin, come get your soup.
Okay, I guess I'll try to eat it.
R is for rug muncher,
It's too hot. You can blow on it.
Okay.
and T is for trains. They just spelled it wrong. They spelled it Trans.
Jeffy, I said read quietly.
Come on, Marvin. It'll make you feel better.
Can you start with the crackers, please? My stomach hurts.
Oh, fine.
Daddy, for X, they only put the letter X. They didn't put X-ray because if they took an X-ray, it would show what gender they are, and they're not ready for that conversation yet.
Marvin, I can't open up the crackers.
Okay, listen, put the crackers down. I'll just eat the chicken noodle soup.
Oh, chicken noodle soup, dick! Filled with chicken and noodles and shit.
Okay, everyone's yelling. I have a headache. I'm gonna call a doctor. I can't deal with this.
Mommy, there is a kid that has the gay BCs on their bookshelf, and their parent says, hey, go read your gay BCs. And the kid says, yes, they, them.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, I'm so sick.
Ew. Let's just shove that in there. That's better. Ooh, chicken noodle soup. Have you eaten any of that yet?
Here, you want some?
Yes. Wait, why are you eating it with a fork, dumbass?
Because we don't have a spoon.
Dumbass.
Well, someone said you look like an owl.
Who? No, who? Fucking who, bitch?
You're an angry owl.
What are you talking about? Oh, fuck you guys. Oh, I get it. You told me I look like an owl just so I'd ask who, thus confirming that I'm an owl. But I'm not an owl, okay? I'm a doctor. I don't have big eyes. I don't have wings. I can't rotate my head 180 degrees.
But someone said you look like an owl.
Who? Oh, fuck off.
What do you guys think O stands for in the gay BCs?
Oh.
It stands for, oh my god, I love penis.
Okay, well, I'm not an owl, all right? All right, you guys thought it would be so funny just to call a doctor over here just to say I'm an owl. Well, I'm not an owl, so fuck you guys. I'm not helping you.
Oh.
B is for butt stuff. And P is for prolapsed anus from the butt stuff.
Baby, take the book away from him.
But how am I gonna be woke? No one's gonna know that I identify as a lawn chair yet.
Take the book away from him.
Oh, Boiny, you're home early from work.
Yeah.
Why do you have your mad eyes on, Boiny?
Oh, because somebody at the hospital said you look like an owl.
Why would they say that, Boiny? That's not very nice.
No, Karen, what I'm saying is somebody said you look like an owl.
Why would they say that? I don't understand. Have they even seen me? Do they even know what I look like, Boiny? I don't look like an owl.
No, Karen, follow me on this, okay? I know a person. I know their name, okay? And I would tell you if you asked. But they said that you look like an owl.
But, Boiny, what's their name? You tell me, because you know what? I'll search them up on Facebook, and maybe they look like an owl, and they're saying I look like an owl because they're projecting, Boiny. I'll poke them on Facebook, Boiny. I will.
You're supposed to say who. I say, somebody said you look like an owl, and then you say who, and I say, haha, you're an owl.
Boiny! That would have been funny if I said who, because you said I look like an owl, and then I would say who like I am an owl, and it would be like I was an owl, Boiny.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. What a hoot.
Uh-huh, yeah, that is the joke, but you didn't say it.
Boiny, we should go to Hooters. We can get wings and look at boobies.
Well, I think they went out of business.
Who?
Oh. Okay, fuck this. I'm going to my cop job. Hey, sir, I'm clocking in.
What, Officer Guy? You're not supposed to work today.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted to. I need the extra hours.
Okay, well, I guess I can put you on traffic duty today.
All right, thanks. Hey, by the way, someone in the office said you look like an owl.
Who?
You're an owl.
What? Oh, that's the goddamn funniest thing I ever heard. You said somebody said I look like an owl, and I said who? And that's the noise owls make. So fucking funny. And you thought of that all on your own?
Yeah, I sure did. That is a Brooklyn guy original.
You know what? I'm giving you a raise.
What, really?
Yeah, we need more funny cops around here. People around here are just too damn serious.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, Chief.
Oh, hey, Officer Simmons. Somebody said you look like an owl.
Well, why would they say that? That's hurtful.
No, Simmons, you're supposed to say who, damn it! You're demoted! You're on parking tickets from now on!
Oh.
Huh, I can't believe I got a promotion for making that stupid joke. Maybe I am a comedian. But, whoa, that guy's driving like an owl. I better pull him over. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hi, officer. I'm Charlie.
Where is that laughing coming from?
It's the audience.
Oh, okay. Well, I noticed you were swerving quite a bit. Have you had anything to drink?
Plenty.
Oh, well, how much?
A whole bag.
Oh, Capri Sun. I guess that's fine. But you were speeding, too.
Oh, what? I didn't have on my blinkers?
Oh, that's pretty good because you're blinking.
Yeah. Well, and I have been getting roadhead. I'm sorry, officer. I am a freak.
Oh, that looks like a severed head.
The body's in the trunk.
Okay, well, I don't really understand that part of the joke, but hey, somebody at dispatch said you look like an owl.
Who?
You're an owl.
You're funny. Did you write that?
Oh, yeah, that's me. That's all me.
Oh, man, you could be a comedian. We need writers here. Well, do you want to be a writer for me?
What, me? A writer for Charlie? I'd love to.
We need original content.
Oh, I'm full of original content. Everything I say is original.
It sounds like it. Look, come meet us tonight. We need new content for an episode.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank God he didn't check the trunk. I have a whole body in there. I'm a murderer.
Oh, Boiny, you're dressed all fancy. What, you got a hot date tonight?
Yeah, with a girl owl who said you also look like an owl.
Oh, Boiny, you want me to say who again, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Who?
Very good, Karen. You got it.
Yay, Boiny.
Well, no, actually, the reason I'm dressed up is, you know that guy Charlie from Charlie and Friends?
Yeah.
Well, he thought my owl joke was so funny, he wants me to write for his show.
Really, Boiny? That's so exciting. What other jokes do you know?
Oh, so many. I'm just full of jokes.
Tell me one.
Well, no, I'm not going to tell them to you because you might steal them. And people who steal joke, that's fucked up. You shouldn't steal jokes. That's wrong.
Oh, Boiny, I have a joke that you could tell everyone tonight. You want to hear it?
Okay.
What do you do if you get swallowed by an elephant?
What?
You run around till you're pooped out.
I don't get it.
Like you run around till you're pooped out tired, or you run around until he poops you out?
What does that have to do with an elephant?
Nothing, Boiny.
Okay, it could have been any large animal. That joke is stupid. I'm not saying that.
Well, fine, Boiny, then don't.
Okay, I won't because I have plenty of other jokes. And you know what? Somebody told me that you make bad jokes and you look like an owl.
Well, that's really hurtful, Boiny. I don't appreciate being talked about that way. That's not nice.
Damn it, Karen, you still don't get it.
Hello everyone, welcome to the joke writing room for the new episode of Charlie and Friends that's going to be airing tonight. And who the fuck are you?
Oh, I'm new. Charlie said he liked my joke.
Oh yeah? Let me hear it.
Oh, well, somebody here said you look like an owl.
Who the fuck said I look like an owl? Was it you, Steven? No, sir. Was it you, Susan? No. Who the fuck said I look like an owl?
Well, you said who, so you're an owl.
That is the funniest goddamn shit I've ever heard. What's your name?
Brooklyn?
Well, we're gonna get you a name tag that says funny motherfucker, because that's your new name now. You can stay. Alright, Steven, give me a joke.
Okay, your mom is so poor.
No, she's not.
Okay, his mom is so poor. I saw her wearing one shoe. So I said, what happened to your other shoe? Did you lose it? And she said, no, I found this one.
You're fired.
Susan, give me a joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Cargo who?
Well, actually, owls go who, not cars.
That's funny as shit! This is a funny motherfucker! You two need to learn to be more like him!
Can I finish my joke?
I don't even remember the beginning part of it, so it's fucking stupid.
Cargo beep beep.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid.
Alright, funny man, give me another one.
Oh, okay. Well, somebody said you look like an owl.
I've already heard that one. Give me another one.
Oh, a different one.
Yes.
I got those. Somebody said you look like a parakeet.
Who?
Well, I said a parakeet, not an owl.
It's even funnier the third fucking time, Steven! Right? Alright, Steven, give me another joke.
I thought I was fired.
Okay, fine, stay fired.
No, please, I have another joke. I have another joke.
Okay, and they better be funny, because if it's not, thumbtacks are gonna go in your ass. 5 of them.
Yes, sir.
Alright, go.
His mom is so fat she took a bite of her phone because it was made by Apple.
Go. Go to my office, get 5 thumbtacks and start shoving them up your ass. And I'm gonna know if it's 5 or not because I'm gonna have you shit them out into my hand. Everyone get a good look at Steven's ass. That's the last time you're gonna see it without thumbtacks in it.
Alright, Susan. Another joke, please.
Okay, why couldn't the skeleton watch the scary movie?
Why couldn't the skeleton watch the scary movie?
He didn't have the guts.
Almost as funny as your joke. Go ahead and tell me another one.
Oh, another one. Okay, well, what do owls say when they get hurt?
Ouch?
No, they say owl.
That's fucking stupid.
Alright, that's enough poultry jokes, okay? Give me another one that has nothing to do with owls.
Oh, a different one. Okay, well, can I use the bathroom real quick?
Sure, but when you come back, you better tell me a joke so funny I laugh the shit out of my ass.
Okay, yes, sir.
Alright, Susan, give me another joke.
Why did the wheel on the car stop spinning?
Why?
Because it was tired.
Alright, you can write that one down. We'll keep that one.
Please answer.
Hello?
Marvin, put your wife on the phone.
What? Why?
Just do it!
Baby, it's the doctor. He wants to talk to you.
Hello?
Hey, you remember that owl joke you told me?
Yeah!
Yeah, it was really good, and I need another joke that's not about owls.
Oh, what's green and has wheels?
What?
Grass. I lied about the wheels.
No, I don't think he's gonna like that. I think he's gonna put thumbtacks in my ass.
What?
Give me another joke.
Oh, knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Oh, I've already heard this.
Moo!
I didn't even say who.
Okay, I got one. What's brown and sticky?
I don't know shit.
No, a stick.
I could maybe use that one. Give me another one.
Why did Susie fall off the swing?
Why?
Because she doesn't have arms. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Not Susie.
Oh, I see, because she didn't have arms.
Moo! It's the cow.
God damn it. Oh, okay, I think I can maybe use those. Thanks. Ugh, oh, I'm so fucked. Ow.
Steven, you're walking like there's only 4 in there. There better be 5, because I'm gonna check.
There's 5.
Alright, good.
Hey, I'm back.
Hey, everyone, look, funny fuckhead's back! Come on, tell me a funny joke, funny fucker. I'm hungry. I want yummy the funny time. Oh.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Not Susie.
What?
Because she doesn't have any arms.
How the fuck was she knocking? Was she hitting her head on the door?
Moo.
What?
That's a cow.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Hold on. Can I please start over? I messed up.
Please do.
Okay. What's brown and sticky?
What?
Grass. I lied about the brown and sticky.
Are you okay? Did you do shrooms in the fucking bathroom?
No, I got it. Okay. What happens when you get eaten by an elephant?
What?
He poops you out, I think.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What happened to you being a funny fuckhead? Come on, be funny!
Okay.
Be funny! Be funny!
Funny.
Come on!
Tell jokes.
Be funny!
Are you so
You're not funny!
Okay. I stole the owl joke, okay?
You stole the owl joke?
Yes, I stole it.
You're fucking fired! Just Steven, let me see those thumbtacks. Go ahead and shit them out in my hand. There's an asshole that's more deserving of it, just when I didn't think it was possible. Hold on, let me get them. Oh, oh, you put him the sharp side in first? Oh, it's crazy, Steven. Good work. All right, I only have 4. I only have 4, Steven, god damn it!
Ow.
Boiny, what's wrong?
I got thumbtacks shoved up my ass for lying.
What'd you lie about?
Well, you know that owl joke I told you earlier? I stole it.
Boiny, you stole a joke? That's horrible.
Well, your stupid elephant joke didn't really work either.
Well, how did you say it, Boiny?
Well, you know, I said what happens when you get eaten by an elephant. You get pooped out.
Boiny, you said it wrong. It's you run around until you pooped out.
Yeah, well, I don't think that extra little sentence would have stopped the thumbtacks.
I don't know, Boiny. I mailed the joke in. We should see if they use it.
They're not gonna use it.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. And today, I'm gonna be saying jokes sent in by fans. So what do you do if you were eaten by an elephant? You run around until you get pooped out. That is funny. That is freaking funny. Oh man, whoever said that, oh that's hilarious. Pooped out.
Boiny.
I'm gonna go tell that joke to my boss so I get another raise.
Hey, sir. Hey there, funny man.
Hey, I got another joke for you. What happens when you get eaten by an elephant?
Yeah, I just saw that joke on Charlie and Friends. You're under arrest for theft, and you're losing your raise.
Man, you get arrested and I have thumbtacks in my ass?
Chicken and waffles for breakfast? Oh, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Chef BB! What do you want, Braxton? I'm trying to make chicken and waffles. Wait. Why you so damn clean? Oh, you like the new look, huh? Yeah, I got a fresh ass Goodfellas t-shirt on, clean as hell, fresher than a bitch. You like it? Hell no! I like it when you're dirty and filthy. That's how I know you're actually getting the job done and you're working hard. Well, wait, where's my orange juice? You know I like freshly squeezed orange juice on Sundays. Well, we don't have any oranges. We got onions over here. I can make you some onion juice. No, I don't want no damn onion juice. Does it look like it's Thursday? I am not detoxing today. Maybe some damn oranges. Go get some from the fucking store or something. God. Okay, Braxton. Jeez. You can ask, please.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Aw, Percy, why the long face? Well, I caught my wife getting a train ran on her. Look. Aw, that sucks, Percy. Yeah, they're all up in her caboose.
Junior, I gotta run to Target to get some oranges for your whiny ass daddy. Do you need anything?
Oh, if I go with you, will you take me to Chick-fil-A?
What? Chick-fil-A? What the hell? Oh, Chick-fil-A? Hell yeah, I'll take you to get some chicken sandwiches and shit. I know you starving.
Wait,
yeah.
you'd really take me to Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, for my number one buddy, definitely I'll do that.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah, we can make a quick pig style.
Yes!
Chick-fil-A!
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 Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A!
Oh, you excited as hell, homeboy?
Oh, yeah, I'm so hungry. Oh, should I get chicken nuggets or should I get a chicken sandwich?
Get both of them. What the hell wrong with you?
But I get both?
Yeah, today your day. Get whatever on the menu.
Oh my god, okay. I want a chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets. Oh, and can I get a chocolate milkshake?
Shit, get it all. Get a vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whatever on that motherfucker.
Oh, there's no line.
Oh, yeah, no line. You getting the presidential treatment, my boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, remember, the chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets and a milkshake.
Okay, I remember all of it. Can I get a chicken sandwich, chicken nuggets, a milkshake? Fuck it, let's get a brownie as well. Oh, wait, what's that? It's Sunday, you fucking dog! It's closed, you silly ass, goofy ass, hungry ass, starving ass boy. Hold on. Let me in the stomach. Oh, that bitch sound like a Loch Ness monster, and that bitch is so damn hungry. You look so pitiful. Hold on, let me see if they actually open up. Hey, can y'all open up, please? I know it's Sunday. Ask Jesus if he can let a nigga get a pass or something. Goddamn, cause this boy starving. This boy, he like one of them little African children, but he white. Oh my God, someone please open up. He's so fucking hungry.
You can stop now, Chevy.
Wait, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, let's just go to Target.
Hungry ass nigga. All right, Junior. I gotta run into Target to get these damn oranges for your dad. So try not to eat the steering wheel and the damn car seats while I'm gone. Know you're hungry as hell, boy. Oh, shit. Junior, do you think Target's actually open on Sunday? Of course it is, nigga, because I checked the calendar, you dumbass. Silly ass. Goofy ass. Bok chicken hungry ass. Nugget wanting ass boy. Oh, you ain't getting shit today, nigga.
Just go inside Target!
What are those goddamn oranges? Oh, there they go, right there. Oh, sorry, man. Oh my God, goddamn! I diggity down. Were you reaching for these oranges, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Well, I was, but now I think I want a banana.
I got the perfectly bruised banana for you. I just need you to peel it back with your teeth, baby.
What teeth?
Oh, God damn! You got somewhere to be right now?
I just gotta be back by the old folks' home at around 5.
Oh, it's 2:30 right now. There's plenty of time between 9 and 10. What you trying to do? Oh, Junior,
No,
listen.
Chef PB, just take me home. No more jokes.
No, it's not a joke. Just listen. Check this shit out. Oh, I met the woman of my dreams in Target. That bitch so damn bad.
Well, I mean, Target bitches are fine.
Yeah, they are, especially when they a cougar bitch on a prowl and you out here reaching for oranges out of nowhere. They rah, 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 rah. And I'm like, oh, I'm a victim, but I'm vulnerable and I'm willing to go, baby. Let's get it. Oh,
She's that hot?
oh yeah, she was bad. Straight gilf. Oh, woman of my dreams with big ass titties. Yeah, titties. Oh, but look, she took me behind the paper towel aisle and we made a little mess. We had to clean up on aisle 3, if you know what I'm talking about. Wait, you a G. You can't hear that type of shit. Let me hold on.
What she look like? Show me what she looks like.
Oh, no. She out your lead, boy. Chill out. You know, stick to them elementary hoes. She out your lead, boy. She a gilf. Super bad hoe. But look, hold these down oranges. I gotta get back to the house. I'm getting too damn aroused. I'm in love. It's cougar love. Ooh, gotta grab them and do like I do with them. It's just squeeze, get the juices out of that motherfucker. Wait, what the hell was that? Oh, is that my phone? Hold on. Wait, St. John's retirement home? Who the hell could this be? Hello?
Hello, is this that fine young man from the grocery store?
You better chill out, baby. There might be that cute ass cougar that was on the hunt earlier. Yeah, I'm surprised you remember my number with all that damn Alzheimer's with your cute ass.
My memory ain't as good as it used to be, but I can't forget the size of that banana.
Chill out, baby. Chill. I'm gonna come over there and put that banana pudding on that ass.
Well, why don't you come down to this retirement home and do it then? It's mac and cheese night.
Oh my God. Oh, chill out, baby. Oh, I'm getting a little too excited. Gotta make sure nobody over here. Mac and cheese night, you say? Ooh, I'm gonna have to come and stir the pot. Ooh, and grab them after I get done squeezing these oranges. My hand's gonna be nice and firm.
Oh, you squeezing oranges. What you thinking about when you squeezing them oranges?
You know what I'm thinking about, the wrinkly ass titties. I'm trying to squeeze the milk out them bitches, you know what I'm saying? What you wearing, baby?
Oh, I'm wearing adult diapers.
Oh, adult diapers? Oh, I know you wet below. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull them bitches off with my teeth.
Well, I did just piss myself.
That's all I need to hear, baby. Just hold on. I'm gonna be over there in just a second. Oh! Junior! Junior, I need your help. Please. Look out for a nigga. Please, help me.
Why would I help you, Chef PB?
What do you mean? Why would you help me? We're best friends. Nigga, I cook for you. What do you mean? Look out for a nigga. Come on, bro. Look. Remember that one time I took you to Chick-fil-A to get a chicken sandwich? I was looking out then, but the motherfucker was closed, though. I forgot about that. God damn it. Oh, silly ass, goofy. All right, let me calm down. But look, please help me. Help me out. Go downstairs, squeeze those oranges, and give your dad a cup of orange juice. He needs it because it's Sunday and shit. I got a date with a fine ass cougar bitch. She got a dick appointment, so you know I gotta fill the prescription. Doctor calls.
Well, what do I get out of it?
You trying to hit my bitch? Hell no, that's a weird question for you to ask. You can't get none of that. That's all mine. I'm in love, dude. God. But, you know, I can ask her if she got a friend or something, you know, put you down. Make sure you get a little play later, you know. You know what I'm talking about? But not with my old lady. I'm in love, boy.
No, you know what, fine, I'll just do it, go.
You will? That's what I'm talking about. I love you, man. You know what? On my way back, I will make sure I'll pull up the Chick-fil-A and see if they still open. Fuck, man. Damn, boy. Happen every time, it never fails. But these hoes, boy, go crazy, but I'm getting on my nerve, boy.
You okay, Chef PB?
Look, check this out. I need real nigga advice. What, real nigga, you feel me? Look, just keep it a bean with me. Keep it 100. If I'm going crazy, just let me know, Junior. But I pulled up to the old folk home to pick up my old lady, right?
Old folks home.
Yeah, the old... Man, stop cutting me off. I'm trying to tell the damn story. Look, I pull up to the old folk home, and I'm like, oh, hey, the lady at the desk, I'm like, hey, baby, what's up? How you doing? My old lady down here, where she at? You know, fine shit. Where she at? Oh, she in room 705? Okay, bet. So I go up to the elevator. Boop, 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 boop. Whoop. So go up there to 705. I'm walking up to the room. Guess what the hell happened? The old ass geezer walk out, bruh, fixing his damn pants, smiling with the biggest damn smirk on his mouth, just cheesing. I'm like, okay, this what we doing? Okay, bet. I walk in the room, right? She over there laid up, just cheesing herself. Relax, look like she just got done smoking a damn cigarette. I'm like, okay, bet. Who the hell with the old ass geezer walking out? Oh, that's just my ex-husband. Your ex-husband? What the fuck the ex doing in the present? What he doing here? The fuck? He's supposed to be ex-tied. What? Alright, bet. Tell my, oh no, he just came to catch up on old times and memories and stuff. Catch up? The fuck he catch up? You a hot dog now? Y'all catching up on old memories? Fuck them memories. Let them burn in hell, nigga. What the fuck? Bruh, boy, and then she over here just laughing and giggling. Bitch, what you laughing for? I'm the only nigga supposed to make you laugh. What? Oh, boy, I could have slapped that. Why? But I had to keep composure. Then I looked to the left. What the hell was that? Guess what I see? A damn hat. It's a hat on the damn table. Who hat is this, bitch? Oh, that my ex-husband hat. He must have left it. He leaving hats now? He coming back for later? He seconds? That's what he want? Oh, hell no. Boy, where you at? Boy, I put a foot up in that nigga ass. Boy, where you at? Point him out. I swear, if he come back, somebody, no, you reading too much into it. Stop thinking like that. I would never. He ain't getting none of these goodies. He ain't hit. I'm like, baby, so he ain't hit. He ain't hit. No, I would never let him get none of this. All right. But you know what my first grade teacher told me? Go with your instincts. Use your intuition, nigga. You know what my intuition tell me? He piping that. He all in them damn guts every time when I'm not there. Oh, boy, I can't believe this shit. So, you know, I'm not thinking right, but I'm over here trying to keep composure. So I'm like, hey, big, give me your phone. Give me that damn phone. I start scrolling, boy. I scroll back like 20 years, you feel me? Oh, yeah, guess what I see? He piping that shit. Boy, he blowing her back out. I can't even fucking be mad, man. Cause she looked good as hell in it too, boy. She was just taking that shit, boy. I ain't know what to say, boy. I had to send it to my damn phone, you know what I'm saying? Cause keep it for later. It was that damn good.
Didn't you just meet her today?
But I love her. What do you mean I just meet her today? That's my soul. That's my soul tie. You feel me? We locked in forever. You think? What you think, Junior? You think she cheating?
Your phone's ringing.
What? Oh, God damn it. Look, I'm gonna come back. You just tell me what you think when I come back. Junior, that's her ass calling me from the old folks' home. Oh, boy, she's desperate as hell. It's like putty in my hands. Watch this shit. It's gonna be like a game. What you want, big? I'm busy right now. I'm busy with like 8 different hoes. She trying to give me some gog, especially this redhead one. She very freaky and frisky. Hey, act like a girl real quick.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, it's so hairy.
Ooh, hairy, you say? I love a good jungle. I feel like George in that motherfucker. Ooh.
Wow, this is awkward.
Wait, who the hell is this? Is this that old ass geezer? Yeah, I saw your little ass when you was walking out the room, and I saw you on that video. You think a nigga ain't pay attention. You got good stroke game, though. I'll give it to you. You good rhythm.
No, I'm a worker from the old folks' home calling to let you know that Miss Harris has unfortunately passed away about 3 minutes ago, and you were the last person to call her, so I was just calling to let you know.
No! That's the love of my life. She passed away. What am I going to do now? I was giving her that good pipe. Who else am I going to pipe? What am I going to do? I'm never going to see her again.
Well, Chef Pee-Pee, didn't you send the video of her ex-husband piping her to your old phone?
You know what? You're right. Good looking out, Junior. I'm gonna watch this video and rehash some memories.
Hey, gang, look, I'm a helicopter.
Jeffy, watch where you swing those beads. You might hit me in the face. Jeffy, hit me in the face, Jeffy.
Ooh, can I have them?
Yeah, take them.
Yay!
Hey, gang, one time I was on the internet and I saw this girl and she pulled beads out of her butt.
But, Jeffy, you shouldn't be watching videos like that.
But they were way bigger than this, Danny. They were like the size of baseballs. And when she pulled them out of her butt, they went like she was pulling bubble wrap out of her ass.
I don't want to hear it, Jeffy. Shut up.
But Danny, why would she do that?
What? I don't know, Jeffy. I don't know why she would do that.
Pull beads out of her butt.
I don't know, Jeffy. Let's watch the news. Just stop talking about that.
Breaking news, okay? Happy Mardi Gras. Since it's Fat Tuesday, the annual Fat Tuesday competition where contestants will try to get as fat as they can today on Tuesday will be held. And if you're a fat enough piece of shit, you could win $1 million. So come on down and join the competition. I know I'm gonna join.
$1 million just to be the fattest person in town by the end of the day?
Well, when you say it all together like that, it kind of sounds stupid.
Marvin, how come our town is always randomly giving out large amounts of money for the stupidest things? Where's all this money coming from? Who's funding this?
Baby, don't question a free handout.
I don't think you can get that fat by tonight. There are people who are fat professionally. They're fat every day of the year. They love it.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna out-fat a naturally fat person. But it is Fat Tuesday. We have to try.
Daddy, why is it called Fat Tuesday? Is there a chubby Monday or a lard-ass Wednesday or damn bitch, you fat as fuck Thursday?
I don't know why it's called Fat Tuesday, but it is Mardi Gras and you get beads today, so...
Oh, is this the day that girls pull these beads out of their butt?
No, they don't do that today. They don't do that.
Well, they did in the video, and I don't know if I watched it on a Tuesday, or maybe she did it on a Tuesday. Either way, I nut it.
Jeffy, stop. Oh, listen, we're gonna order McDonald's, and what do you want from McDonald's, baby?
I don't know, Marvin, but you know I like to eat.
Sticky wee-wee cream.
Jeffy, please just stop saying random shit like that.
Hey, Danny, guess what my sock calls me?
What?
The Creaminator. Because of the crab.
Okay, that is it. I'm gonna order as much McDonald's. We're all gonna get fat, because if one of us gets fat, we all get $1 million.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, guys, all the food is here. I got a triple Big Mac stack of chicken nugget shish kebabs and a sextuple pounder.
Pounder? I hardly know her.
Sex! Tuple is what you said.
Yes, Jeffy, sextuple means 6 of something, like single, double, triple, quadruple.
Sex.
Tuple, Jeffy, you have to say tuple afterwards. And I got you a Meat Mountain from Arby's.
Oh, Meat Mountain dick with sticky wee-wee cream all over it.
Stop saying that word, Jeffy. It's called Meat Mountain because there's a lot of beef. It's like monster beef.
Yeah, that's why I typed in the search bar. Monster beef. Girl can't handle this monster beef. But when I watched the video, she looked like she sure could handle that monster
Jeffy,
beef.
shut up and stop talking.
Daddy, the cheese on this sandwich looks like the cheese on the tip of my Peter.
Peter? I hardly know her.
Everyone stop talking. Everyone's literally shut up. We have to eat all this food. You have to eat every little bite.
Marvin, we can't eat all this. It's gonna make us sick.
Oh, listen, I don't care. It's worth $1 million. If you eat all this food, we could possibly get $1 million. So everyone, I want you to clean your plate. I want to see nothing left on the plate.
That's what they said in the Bukkake.
Shut up, Jeffy! Oh, man, I'm so fat.
I don't know if I'm 4 or if I'm pregnant from all the sticky wee-wee cream.
Oh, guys, we gotta keep eating. There's still food left on our plates.
Marvin, I can't eat anymore. I'm gonna be sick.
Yeah, Daddy. The only way food's gonna get inside me without any resistance is if I shove it in my ass.
What? Listen, I need some more milkshake.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna suck it like a nipple.
I can't reach it. Oh, okay, look, we have to go to the fat competition. So everyone get up.
Marvin, I can't get up.
I can't move. I won't be able to walk. I'm so fat.
I can't get up either, Marvin. It's impossible.
I'm gonna call a doctor. Maybe he can get some wheelchairs and take us to the competition.
Suck it.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor. Fat. Bunch of fatties, bunch of fat fuckers.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
What kind of world is this where the bullying isn't working? They like being called fat.
Well, we want to be fat.
It's Fat Tuesday.
Oh, is this about that stupid fat competition?
Yeah, we want that $1 million.
Okay, well, I gotta warn you, you definitely don't have a chance of winning. My fat ex-wife has got that shit in the bag. As soon as she shows up, they just hand her the money because she's so fat. I mean, I think she's a trillionaire from winning so many fat competitions. Actually, you know what? You might have a chance because I think they banned her from competing because she's so fat, it's just not fair to the other contestants. It's like a landslide, both literally and figuratively. You know why they call it Fat Tuesday? It's because my ex-wife is so fat, she got kicked out of a Ruby Tuesday for eating the entire salad bar. And I said, hey, let her do it. It's the first time she's had a salad in her entire life. But no, she was just dumping all the bacon bits and ham and cheese into her mouth. So that bitch has never touched a vegetable in her life, unless it's lettuce on a cheeseburger. You know, after she dies, there's still gonna be fat left over, because there's no way all of that fat could possibly decompose before the sun explodes. So like those companies that harvest like whale blubber for like makeup and lipstick and shit, after my ex-wife dies, they don't need whales anymore. They could just harvest her blubber because she's so goddamn fat. See, on her driver's license, she's not an organ donor. She's a fat donor. Because after she dies, they're going to take her fat and give it to anorexic people, like reverse liposuction. Just put the fat right back in them. Anyway, what'd you guys eat?
Well, my daddy made me eat sticky wee-wee cream off his Meat Mountain.
Should I put on my cop outfit? I really don't like how you said he made you.
Well, no, listen, he did eat the Meat Mountain, but it had horsey sauce on it.
What the fuck does it? Horsey sauce? There's a horse involved? What's happening?
No, there's a Meat Mountain from Arby's, the big meat, the beef meat.
Oh, from Arby's, because they have the meats. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So, like, what do you need from me?
Oh, well, We're so fat we can't really move, and I was wondering if you could help us try to move like wheelchairs or something.
Oh, a wheelchair. Yeah, my fat ex-wife needed wheelchairs to get around too. You know, she's like those people in my 600-pound life that are so fat they just sit in bed because they can't do anything else. They just sit there all day. And how do they shit? They just shit right there in the bed. They just shit and they make like a little world of shit in the bed in their fat rolls. It's like Osmosis Jones of shit. There's a whole little community going on in there in the shit. Can you imagine what that room smells like? It's all just piss and shit and old food. Ew, I don't want to think about it anymore. It's so fucked up. Ew.
Yeah, can you get us our wheelchairs?
Yeah, wheelchairs. You said that. Yes, I can do that.
He talks a lot.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Whoa!
Whoa, don't tip over. You might cause an earthquake, you fat fuck.
Whee! This is fun!
Careful, don't break that wheelchair. It's not covered by your insurance. Nothing is these days. All right, just roll yourselves down to where do they have the fat competition? Like the convention center? Sure as hell isn't the gym, I know that. Like McDonald's, Golden Corral, that sounds right.
Okay, can you give me a push?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa! Baby, have you seen my car keys?
Marvin, you're too fat to drive. You won't even fit in the car.
We have to drive. It would take hours to roll to the convention center.
Ooh, donkey! 8 layers of creamy cream Sara Lee cheesecake! Come here, you! Yummy! Oh, I can't wait to lick in between every single one of your little cracks. And I don't care if you wipe, because I didn't wipe. Am I in heaven? No, I must be in Pisa because of the Leaning Tower of Cheesecake.
Shrek?
Oh, what do you want, donkey? And why are you fat as holy hell?
Well, there's a fat competition and the fattest person gets $1 million.
So you're telling me I could get $1 million just for being sexy?
Well, you have to be really fat, and you're definitely fatter than me and Rose combined, so please don't join because you definitely probably would win.
That's super rude, donkey! I want to join, so I'm going to eat all of this cheesecake and then I'm going to join your little fat competition.
Well, have you seen my car keys?
Oh, they're right there, donkey. Donkey, are you trying to blow ass? Let me show you how it's done.
Oh, God.
Oh, get a whiff of that right ass, donkey.
Oh, get out of here, get out of here. Oh, God.
Wafting, come here, you.
Hello and welcome to Fat Tuesday's fattest fat ass competition on this Fat Tuesday. All the fattest fatzos in town have rolled out tonight to see what they're made of, which is mostly fat. So if you walked in here tonight, you're automatically disqualified, because there are fatter fuckers than you that can't even carry their own big fat weight around. Now it's time to put your money where your food is, in your big fat fucking belly. Now let's get this competition started and start the judging. That's a big fucker right there. Oh, he's really fat. How does he even tie his shoes? I bet he can't even fit in the shower. I bet he doesn't even try to shower. He's probably stinky being all fat like that. Big fat motherfucker. All right, now it's time for the judging.
Oh, no way, baby. They have pizza.
Marvin, there's no way you have any more room left to eat.
Maybe just 2 or 3 slices.
Low rider.
What, Goodman, what are you doing here?
I only joined for the $1 million. Plus, I can afford Ozempic. And also, Quinceañera gave me a fat, sweaty blumpkin earlier, and she fingered my belly button hole the whole time.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, it's time to start the official judging. Starting with you. Whoa, fat bitch alert, we got a fat bitch here.
Thank you.
Oh, do me. Oh.
Oh no, Tubby took a tumble. What's the matter, Tubby? You can't get up, you're too fat. You're like a big tubby turtle trapped on his back.
What about me?
Holy heart disease, you're already on your deathbed.
Or do me.
What? My God, that's the fattest fucker I've ever seen. I have no choice but to name you today's Fat Tuesday fattest fat ass. What's that? Could it be an even fatter fat ass? Holy fat Van Boogerball!
Now wait just a cheesecake second. If anyone's fat here, it's me.
My God, you've got to be the fattest fat ass here. You win.
Wait, I'm fatter than he is.
Ooh, you are pretty goddamn fat. Well, it looks like we've got ourselves a fat off. It's gone into overweight. I mean overtime. Looks like I'm gonna have to break out the tape measure and head over there, because you sure as hell can't come to me. All right, you fat sacks of shit. Let's see which one of you is fatter. I gotta be careful not to get pulled into your gravitational pull. Oh, wow, you're pretty fucking fat. Now let's try you. Oh, wow, you're really fat too. But Lord-ass here's just a little bit fatter. Congratulations, Lord-ass, you win.
Yay, $1 million for me. Chives, get in here and carry me.
What? Sir, I really can't.
Chives, I shit my pants.
You shit your pants, sir?
Yeah, where else was I supposed to go?
The bathroom?
I can't. I'm big.
Oh, Very well, sir. I'll try my best. Oh, my back!
Damn it, Chimes, you weren't even trying!
There you go.
Thanks for the Ozempic, doctor. I feel skinnier already.
Me too.
Yeah, my ex-wife is terrified of this stuff. I spray it at her to scare her away when she's visiting our daughter, because she's terrified of being skinny. She really wants to stay fat. She's like a bear hibernating for the winter, but like permanently. She's just like eating all the food she can to like store it up in case the world runs out of food, which it's going to because she's eating it all. Anyway, how'd the competition go? I take it you didn't win because you don't have $1 million?
No, somebody who didn't deserve it won.
Yeah, that is how these tend to go. I mean, we can't have you getting $1 million because then you don't have any problems and there's nothing to make videos about, is there?
No.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna wash this off and go reuse it on my other patients like I always do. Alright, Jeffy, here's your security uniform. Time for your next night at Freddy's.
I'm not going back there, it's scary!
But you don't get paid unless you work all 5 nights at Freddy's. That's why it's called 5 nights at Freddy's, not 1 night at Freddy's. That would be a lame game.
I don't care about the money, I'm not going back there!
Jeffy, you can't quit a job unless you put a 2 weeks notice in.
Yeah, it would look bad on your resume.
I don't care about my resume, it's scary!
Jeffy, it can't be that scary.
It is that scary, Daddy! The animatronics try to kill you!
No, you don't have to worry about that. I went over there this morning and put in a whole bunch of new security stuff to protect us. And besides, you already broke all the animatronics.
Exactly why I'm not going back there!
Jeffy, what if I go work at 5 nights at Freddy's, too?
Oh, I get it.
Daddy, it's not gonna matter because you're gonna try to kill you too!
Jeffy, if I'm working there, nothing bad will happen because I'm gonna protect you because I'm your dad, okay? So let's all go work there, come on.
Alright, Marvin, welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. I already gave Jeffy the tour last time, so I'm not going to do that again. I just wanted to show you the animatronics Jeffy beat up. He kicked all their asses.
Sure did, Daddy, because they were trying to kill us.
No, stop spitting on Freddy. You already spit on him too much.
Wait, so these are the things that tried to kill y'all?
Yeah, but Jeffy beat him up, and I'm pretty sure he broke them, so they shouldn't be moving around anymore. I really hope they don't move around anymore. Although, Freddy looks pretty pissed off. I don't remember his teeth looking like that last time. Anyway, I'm going to show you the upgrades I made to the security room. Okay, so I made some improvements to the security room, and I moved some stuff around. Like you may have noticed, the cameras are set to automatically rotate, so you don't have to keep pressing the button. And I brought my laptop charger so the cameras don't die like last time, because that was a big problem. Oh, and I also brought some flashlights in case the lights go out. Now, you may have noticed the door is missing. I don't know what happened to that. That was just gone when I got here. So if they try to kill us, I got this Freddy mask, so we can just put this on, and hopefully they think we're one of them and they don't try to eat us.
They're gonna try to eat us?
Maybe.
What does this thing do?
Oh yeah, that's fucked up. That's the music box. See, this 3-year-old girl died here, and I guess she's in a puppet now, and she likes music, because if you don't wind that music box every few minutes, she pops out and tries to kill you.
Wait, she's gonna try to kill you?
Yeah.
Well, who's that thing?
Oh yeah, that's Balloon Boy. He's a total asshole.
How is he an asshole?
Well, he just likes to turn the lights out like he pays the power bill here. No, don't you do it, you fuck! God damn it, Balloon Boy, turn the lights back on! Wait a minute, we haven't wound the music box in a while, let me check. Oh shit, wind it! Okay, it's working. Oh god, she's gone. Oh god, this is so stressful.
Wait, this is stressful. I mean, I thought all we had to do was look at the cameras, but you're telling me there's people trying to kill us?
Yeah, sometimes, but it's not that hard. You know, you just watch. There was a camera in the bathroom, but I took that out because I might want to rub one out if I get nervous.
That's disgusting!
It helps me relax, okay? Oh shit, oh god, Bonnie's gone.
What is there?
God, oh no, okay, we gotta keep an eye on him.
Okay, so...
He's not in the kitchen.
Okay, there's no one else?
Okay, not in the bathroom, that's good.
That's good. Oh, they're all
god
gone!
damn it, now they're all gone!
Look at that!
There's
Oh my God,
Freddy!
that's Freddy!
Okay, not in the hallway, that's good. Oh, great, Chica's looking at a cupcake, and Bonnie's back in the bathroom. Shit, the cameras are down. Okay, hold on, let me turn the lights back on. Ugh. Okay, Balloon Boy, no more turning off the lights.
Hi.
What is your deal, man? I want the lights on!
Hello?
Listen here, you balloon fuck. I'm gonna turn the lights back on, and I swear to you, if you touch that light switch again, I will choke you out, my guy. Okay. Oh, do it. Please do it. Make my day. Oh, you motherfucker, I'm gonna kill you. I just turned Balloon Boy into Balloon Bitch.
You want me to spit on him?
No, unless you can do it from here. Huh, impressive.
Well, turn the lights back on!
I can't. Balloon Boy broke the light switch.
Then what are we gonna do?
All I have left is this shitty little flashlight. Well, there's nobody there right now.
Well, the cameras are still broken.
Yeah, hold on. I'll put it on manual so I can check them myself. Give me a second. Let me just see here. Okay, there's the stage. They're still gone. Let me see. Oh, there's Freddy. He's just hanging out in the dining room. And there's Chica. She's in the hall. Gotta keep an eye on that.
Okay, Bonnie's back in the bathroom. He must have IBS, poor guy. Well, oh, Chica's getting closer. And she's tweaking out. What's that? Oh god, she took out the camera! Check the hallway, check the hallway! She's right there! Somebody throw something!
I'm gonna throw this!
Oh, don't throw the music box, we need that! Oh great, now the music box is in the hallway. Somebody has to go get it. Not it!
Not it!
What?
Looks like you have to go get the music box, Marvin.
I'm not gonna go out in that hallway.
Well, just put on the Freddy mask. They'll leave you alone.
If I put on this mask, they'll leave me alone?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. So if I go out like this, they won't kill me, right?
Yeah, if they see you, they're gonna think you're one of them.
Well, can I borrow your flashlight?
No, I don't want to be in here in the dark.
I don't want to go in that hallway in the dark.
Well, I'm trying to save the battery.
What? Oh, wow. So which way did the stupid music box go?
I don't know, I think it rolled somewhere down the hall.
Rolled down the hall, it's a cube.
Well, just go get it.
Okay. Guys? I don't see the music box anywhere. Guys, the chicken man has it.
That's a girl chicken.
It's a girl chicken? Oh, you keep scaring me. Can I have this back? Thank you. Oh, he gave it back. He gave it back.
It's a girl.
Oh, it's a girl. What happened?
Chica knocked you out.
Why?
Well, you kept calling her a dude, and I guess that pissed her off. But hey, at least she didn't eat you because of the mask, and we got our music box back. Actually, we haven't wound the music box in a while. I should probably check. Oh shit, wind it, wind it, wind it! Good, she liked that.
Oh, well, turn the cameras back on.
I can't, Chica knocked them out.
Then how are we gonna see?
We're just gonna sit here for the rest of the night and shine this flashlight at the door.
What? Who's that?
Oh, that's just Foxy. He's cool. Yeah, I give him a ride home after work. Sometimes we smoke a J in my car.
He's skateboarding.
Yeah, he wants to be like Tony Hawk. He's gonna be in the X Games someday. Go, Foxy, go! Follow your dreams! Foxy doesn't play by anybody's rules. Marvin, I do have a favor to ask you, and you're not gonna like it.
What is it?
I need you to go to the kitchen and get me a Capri Sun.
What? Capri Sun?
Wild cherry, please.
What? No!
Can you get me a Capri Sun too?
Thanks, Marvin.
I'm not gonna go get you guys Capri Suns. I don't want to get eaten.
Oh, come on. We already know the mask fits you, and you already got punched in the face. What's the worst that can happen now?
Fine. Get your stupid Capri Sun. Okay, you both want wild cherry?
No, I want Pacific Cooler.
I want wild cherry.
Okay. Okay, where is the kitchen? Oh, hey, Freddy. I'm gonna go this way. I'm not bothering you. I have to go faster. Oh, but I really have to use the bathroom. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna close this. Okay, where is the kitchen? Oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. Hey, Chica, sorry for calling you a man. I know you're a woman now. I'm just gonna get something out of the refrigerator. Okay, Pacific Cooler. And wild cherry. Okay, they only have Pacific Cooler. Let me get these two. Oh, dropped one. Oh, hey, Bunny Man. And oh, hey, Chica. I'm just gonna take these Capri Suns and get out of here. See you later. Oh my God! No! Here's your stupid Capri Sun.
Wait, where's my wild cherry?
They only have Pacific Cooler. There was no wild cherry.
That's bullcrap. I know I saw a wild cherry in there. Go back.
I'm not going back out there. The animatronics are in the hallway. Freddy's right there.
Well, if that's true, then me and Jeffy need to hide under the table.
Why?
Well, you're the only one with a mask. They're not going to eat you. They think you're one of them. Me and Jeffy need to hide. So you use the flashlight. We're going to be under the table.
Wait, use the flashlight. Okay, I'm using the flashlight. I don't see anyone.
Marvin, stop wasting the batteries. That's the only flashlight we have.
Okay, I won't use it. It's really scary in the dark. I can't see anything. Oh, Freddy's there! I see Freddy!
Well, don't shine a light at me, asshole.
What? It's just with it. Oh no! The purple bunny's there too! What do I do?
Turn the flashlight off. You're wasting battery.
Turn it off! But now I can't see anything. I don't know where everyone's at.
Marvin, just calm down. You have the mask on. They think you're one of them.
But they're moving. Oh, they're right there! They're right there! They're walking toward me! What do I do?
Just be cool, bro.
What's poppin', slime?
What's poppin', Slime Marvin? What the fuck was that?
I'm just trying to be hip and cool and... They're reaching for me! They're reaching for me! They're grabbing me! They're grabbing me! Help me! Help me! They got me!
Well, they got Marvin, but hey, at least it's not us, right?
We gotta go save my daddy!
I mean, hey, it's almost 6 a.m. Let's just sit here and suck on our Capri Suns. Wait a minute. We haven't been winding the music box. I gotta check. Oh shit, she's right here! Oh no! Somebody help us! Somebody help! Oh, Foxy! You saved us! Hey, do you think you can help us save Marvin too? Okay, go get your skateboard, Foxy. Yeah, that's right. You can be Tony Hawk. This is you winning the X Games. Go get him, Foxy!
Help! Help! They're trying to pull my head off!
Foxy's got Marvin. Come on, Jeffy, let's go out this exit door.
Someone please take me!
Come on, Daddy.
Thanks for all the help, Foxy. You're a real one. You need a ride home? Fuck, he is so cool. I want to be just like him someday.
I wonder where everyone went. Oh my god, Marvin, what happened to you?
I went to work with Jeffy.
I told you it was gonna be scary, Daddy.
What's going on?
Oh, he just has a little bit of PTSD. He'll be fine. Hey, look, maybe if you come with us for the third night, you can see for yourself.
We're not gonna go back for a third night.
Oh, I think we're gonna be going back for a third night. You see that? See those numbers? See how crazy that is? Yeah, you can't beat that. So if you want to see another video of Five Nights at Freddy's, go ahead and hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment saying how you want to see another night, maybe even make a new account talking about how you want another Five Nights at Freddy's video. Because we still have plenty of characters we haven't gotten to, you know, like Spring Roll or Mousetrap or whatever that yellow fucker's name is.
Chives, I love being a billionaire.
I know, you tell me every day, sir.
Chives, feed me chocolate. Ah,
Very well, sir.
throw it in my mouth. Spanking for missing and being bad at throwing.
Two, sir.
You have 2 ass cheeks, Chives. You want me to hit the hole?
No, sir, please.
All right, Chives, now fetch me my phone. I want to look at the stock market.
Very well, sir.
Hey! What are you doing in my house? You're the gardener. You're supposed to be outside. Get the fuck out.
I'm sorry, I'm looking for my hedge clippers.
You're not gonna find your hedge clippers in my fucking living room. Now go! Chives, help!
What, sir?
Stinky's in the house. Get him out.
I don't know why he's in here.
Hey! Get out of the fucking house!
Can I use your bathroom first, senor?
No, use my bathroom? Fuck no. No, you can't use my bathroom. You shit in the yard. You dig a hole, you take a shit, and you plant an orange tree. Naranjas! Now get!
Okay.
Chives, never let that happen again.
I will have a talk with the gardener.
Yes, you will. Chives, did you see where a CEO of a healthcare company was shot outside his hotel?
Oh, I did hear about that. Shot in broad daylight.
Why didn't his bodyguard protect him?
Well, he didn't have a bodyguard.
Didn't have a bodyguard? Chives, I don't have a bodyguard. What if someone tries to shoot me?
Well, then I would be very happy.
Chives.
But unfortunately, I'm not that lucky.
Chives, I think I need a bodyguard.
And who would want to kill you?
I don't know, Chives. Everyone loves me. But I think we should get a bodyguard just in case. So what I want you to do is I want you to find every bodyguard you can think of and let's have an audition.
Very well, sir.
Oh, God damn it. Fuck out!
Oh, my God.
All right, sir. I have arranged several interviews for your bodyguard position.
Okay, send him in.
Very well, sir. The first candidate is a gentleman named Screwball.
Screwball?
Screwball, yes.
All right, come on in. I have a question. The fuck are you doing? You're dressed like a clown. You look like a dickhead. Do you even know what this job's supposed to be for?
Well, Mr. Businessman, I saw the flyer and saw that you were hiring.
Well, this is for a bodyguard position, not a little kid's birthday party.
I'm actually not allowed within 500 feet of kids or a Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay. So I have a question for you. Let's say an assassin's trying to kill me. How would you protect me?
Well, I'd pull out my snake balloon because people are afraid of snakes, and I'd go...
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm sorry. Did I get the job?
We'll call you.
But you don't have my number.
Get the fuck out!
Ow! That wasn't very nice.
Chives, the next one better be good because I don't know what the hell that was.
Well, it is a public application, sir. Anyone can apply.
Well, maybe it should be a little less public. Who's the next one?
The next candidate's name is Shrek.
Shrek?
Yes, sir.
The ogre guy?
Yes, sir.
Oh, donkey! I'm here for the job interview of being a bodyguard.
Well, you're definitely big, so if someone tries to shoot me, you can take a bullet for me and all that fat.
Yes, I can, business donkey. My ass has gotten pretty fat from all the cheesecake. So I do have one question, business donkey. How many snack breaks do I get? And how many bathroom breaks do I get? Because, you see, I have to shit for at least 6 hours of the day. You see, my asshole gets clogged, and I call it constipate. So it takes about 6 hours for me to break through the barrier and release the demon from my bowels, Mr. Business Donkey. And then I'm gonna need about 4 hours to sit there and think about it and recover. Then I need another 3 hours to wipe. But also sometimes I do let it crust. So guilty is charged on the crust. So I always shit, but I don't always wipe. So sometimes pizza crust, sometimes wipey wipe, but always shitty shit.
I'm sorry, the position has been filled. It was nice meeting you.
Well, darn it! That's okay. But do you mind if I take a shit in your bathroom before I leave?
No, I'm sorry. My toilets have weight limits, so please leave.
Alright, see you later. I'm gonna go home and have some Sara Lee cheesecake!
Did he just fly away by flapping his arms?
He did, sir.
Well, fuck the Wright brothers, I guess. Who's next, Chives? Because these candidates have not been good.
I'm sorry, sir. The next candidate's name is Woody.
Woody? Like when your wiener's hard?
No, sir. Like, his name is Woody.
Chewy boy! My name's Woody, and I'm here for the job interview.
Ooh, a sheriff. It would be nice to have someone with law enforcement experience. So if someone was trying to kill me, how would you protect me?
Well, I'd see him coming from miles away with my binoculars. And I usually use these to hunt shrimpos, and when I see the shrimpo, I do the call.
That's enough. Hush. We'll definitely call you. You're at the top of the list.
Alright, good. I'll see you later.
Chives, what the fuck? These candidates suck! First you get me a clown, then you get me an ogre, and now you got me a mental patient? Where are all the good bodyguard candidates?
I'm sorry, sir. The next candidate's name, it's Crush.
Crush? Hell yeah, that sounds badass. Send him in.
I hope he is.
Oh, look at this house, man. It's like way up here, dude. Like cuckoo-ca-choo. So like, what's this even about, man? Because I'm looking and I'm seeing people that are looking like I'm about to join the fucking Men in Black, dude. Like shoot some fucking aliens and wipe people's fucking minds. This could be righteous.
This is a bodyguard position to protect my life. So how would you save me if someone was trying to kill me?
Alright, so let me tell you what's gonna happen, man. Like, Spider-Man's gonna come down from the shit, like, upside down, dude. And then Dr. Obtuse and the Green Goober are gonna be going at it. And I'm gonna be in the Batmobile, hotboxing that motherfucker, dude. And then Batman's gonna be like, where's my car, dude? And Robin's gonna be like, where's your car, dude? And then Batman's gonna be like, it was just right here, dude. And then Robin's gonna be like, you got a tattoo. And Batman's gonna be like, what'd it say? And Robin's gonna be like, where's your car, dude? But to be honest with you, man, I don't really like violence. I prefer to like roll a fatty and then just like talk to the dude, right? Like about the stars and stuff, like the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper. And you know what's fucked up, man? You know what's really screwed up is when some people are the Big Dipper and some people are the Little Dipper. Dude, sometimes I feel like I'm the Little Dipper, dude. And that's just not fucking cool, dude. Like sometimes I just want to be the Big Dipper, right?
Are you done? We drug test. I'm sorry.
Fuck, man, I thought I totally had it. I thought I was gonna be part of the Men in Black.
No, no Men in Black here. Chives, please tell me that all these other candidates were just jokes and you actually have a real legit candidate lined up.
Well, there is one more candidate, sir. His name is Craig, and he called himself the Devil.
Oh, the Devil. That sounds scary. That sounds like he's a killer. So, where is he?
Well, he was supposed to be here by now.
Play, it is I, the devil.
Please tell me he's going to hell.
Yup, first class ticket.
Well, at least it's first class, and I don't have to sit with the poor that's going to hell. So how would you protect me if someone was trying to kill me?
I would just let them kill you because how evil! I'm supposed to be a bodyguard, but I'm going to let you die!
Well, obviously you're not getting the job, you fucking dickhead! Get out of here! Chives, I need some fresh air. Drive me around in my Lamborghini.
Very well, sir.
Hey, Daddy, peep the fit.
That's a hot dog costume, Jeffy.
Wiener time.
What?
Wiener time!
Oh, that's right, Marvin. I forgot. It's Wiener Friday. We have to eat hot dogs.
Wiener Friday? Wouldn't it make more sense if it was Wiener Wednesday?
Well, it used to be, Marvin, but now it's Wonton Soup Wednesday.
Okay, well, let's wait for next Wednesday to be Wiener Wednesday.
Nope, that's Wheat Bread Wednesday.
What? Wheat Bread Wednesday.
Wiener time!
Jeffy, we don't have any hot dogs.
Hot dog time!
Oh, Marvin, you could go to the gas station and get hot dogs that they have on those roller things.
Those are disgusting.
Jeffy will eat them.
Hot dog time? Wiener time!
I'm not going to the gas
Hot
station.
dog time? Wiener
It's a
time!
long drive, I'm not
Hot
going.
dog time?
I'm not doing it.
Wiener time!
You're not eating
Hot dog time? Wiener time!
No, I'm not getting it.
Hot dog time? Wiener time!
Okay, fine, I'll get you a goddamn hot dog.
Hot dog time!
Chives, where did you take me? What is this poor place?
This is the gas station, sir. The car needs gas to move.
Well, why don't I just put money in it?
Well, that's what the gas is, sir.
Well, hurry up!
Very well, sir. Oh, come on, damn thing!
What's going on, Chives?
It says, please see cashier.
Well, go in there and see him!
I can't. You have to be the one to go in there. It's your card.
Oh, fine. But if I go in there and catch some poor disease, I'm gonna be pissed.
Hello, thank you for coming to the gas station. What can I do for you?
Smells so poor in here. Wait, what are these things?
Scratch offs, you can win money.
Money, you say?
Excuse me, where are the hot dogs?
Marvin, what are you doing at the gas station? You don't have money for things.
Well, I was just gonna buy some hot dogs.
Hot dogs? So you have money for hot dogs, but you don't have money to pay your house payment.
Well, my family, they're just kind of hungry.
Well, my bank account's hungry for your house payment.
But-
Show me these hot dogs.
Oh, okay, here's the hot dogs.
Ew, poor! Marvin, these hot dogs are just rolling around on a table?
Yeah, you grab one and eat it.
This is like some sort of hot dog petting zoo. You can come up and just pet them. You can even feed them ketchup and mustard if you want to.
But listen, I just need to grab a few. I gotta eat them.
You're going to eat this, Marvin? How do you know a homeless man didn't come in here and rub his dick all over him?
I don't know. I don't know that.
So you're willing to take that gamble? Well, Marvin, how do you know? There's no cameras in here or anything to see if a homeless man put his dick on it.
Listen, it's wiener time.
Wiener time? That is not a thing, Marvin.
I just need to grab a few because for Jeffy and my wife.
Wiener time. You know what, Marvin? Let's go talk to the guy and see how much these hot dogs are. Come on.
I think they're like $1.
Hey, 9/11, how much are the hot dogs rolling around on the table over there?
$3?
Marvin, if you pull out $3 right now, you don't owe a house payment.
I was gonna use my credit card.
That's still my money, so no! Sorry, sir, we're not buying anything. Marvin here gets a banana.
Congratulations!
And your family will thank me because at least they won't have to eat something that had a dick all over it. And if someone put the dick on the banana, at least they can pull the peel back.
Freeze, give me all the money in the register.
Ah!
Oh, you look like you have money. Give me your money now or you die. Wait, what does that smell? Is that banana? I am allergic to banana. Bleh.
Marvin, you saved my life!
I didn't do anything.
Marvin, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hire you to be my bodyguard. So all you gotta do is just follow me around for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Well, I gotta get home. But
No, you're coming with me. Your first mission is to watch me while I sleep. Come on.
I'm not gonna steal that.
Marvin's goddamn banana. All right, Marvin, you stand right there and you watch me sleep. And if anyone tries to break into that window, you kill them.
I don't have a weapon.
Well, you karate chop that motherfucker, Marvin.
Okay.
All right. Chives, where's my milk?
Right here, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chives. I didn't know my arms were 30 fucking feet long. I didn't know my arms were 29 fucking feet long. Good boy. What? Chives, did you shave your pubes and put it in my milk?
Yes.
You drink it. That's gonna be your dinner.
Oh, sorry, my phone's ringing.
Marvin, part of the job is no phones. You better not answer that phone.
Hello?
Marvin, you're supposed to let it go to voicemail.
Marvin, where are you? The gas station isn't that far away.
I got a job.
At the gas station?
No, Goodman was at the gas station and he was hiring a bodyguard, so I have to watch him all night.
That's weird, Marvin.
Wiener time!
Jeffy keeps saying wiener time.
Wiener time!
All right, baby, wiener time's gonna have to be later.
Marvin, don't you talk dirty to your wife! That's gross!
Baby, I gotta go. Bye.
Wiener time, Marvin? That's crazy if that's how she asked for it.
But it's
Wiener time. All this wiener time talk's making me want wiener time. Quinceañera! Wiener time!
Right now, Mr. Goodman?
Yes, you get under here.
Okay.
Marvin, you watch the whole time.
What?
You gotta make sure she doesn't kill me.
What? I don't want to watch this, please.
Look into my eyes, Marvin.
No, no.
Marvin, did you fall asleep?
No, I didn't.
Liar! I sleep with my eyes open. I saw the whole thing.
Listen, can I go home? I've been up all night.
No, Marvin, it's a 24-hour job.
What?
You have to take me to the bank.
But the bank for what?
I count my money every morning, so you have to take me to the bank. You're my bodyguard.
Oh, okay.
All right, come on.
I'm so tired.
All right, Marvin, you watch my back while I count my money.
Good morning, Mr. Goodman. How are you today?
Rich as always. Last night I gave my maid in Alabama Hot Pocket, my buddy Marvin here, a watch, didn't you, Marvin?
It was disgusting.
Marvin, don't be rude. Turn around and say hi.
Hi.
Time to die, Goodman.
Marvin, I told you to watch my back.
I turned my back for literally 1 second.
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Oh, well, let me just grab my... Marvin, hurry up and shoot him! Shoot him! Simon says shoot him! Why are you not shooting him?
Move out of the way.
Marvin, you're fired!
All right, time to die.
Oh.
What? It jammed. Come on.
Marvin, hurry up! It jammed! Karate chop him!
Ouch! Oh my god, my nose hurts.
Oh, now it's fixed.
Oh, hold on. Before you kill me, how much are they paying you to kill me?
$10,000.
$10,000? I'll pay you $20,000 not to kill me. I'll pay you $30,000 to tell me who hired you.
Deal. It was the gardener.
The gardener? The gardener doesn't have $10,000. Maybe he has 10,000 pesos.
Well, yeah, that's what he was gonna pay me in.
Okay, look, I'll tell you what. I'll pay you 50,000 pesos not to kill me, and you go kill the gardener.
Deal.
Oh.
Sorry, Marvin, but you're fired.
Okay.
So, you ever heard of Wiener Time? Hey, Danny, question. How long is too long to eat an onion ring you found underneath the refrigerator?
What?
3.5 months? Is that too long?
Yeah, that's too long, Jeff. You're not eating an onion ring you found in the refrigerator. It has green mold on it.
Well, let me tell you what happened. So about 3.5 months ago, I put this onion ring underneath the refrigerator because I wanted to grow an onion. Well, it didn't, so now I want to eat it.
You're not gonna eat it, Jeffy. It's gross.
Not gonna eat it or not supposed to eat it?
Both. You're not gonna eat it. Give me the goddamn onion ring. You're not eating this. There's someone at the door. Hello? What? Goodman?
Is that a goddamn onion ring?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
I mean, it's 3.5 months old.
Is it your newborn fucking baby? How do you know its age? Why are you carrying it around your house?
No, I found it under the refrigerator. It's been under there for 3.5 months.
Then why are you still holding it? Why didn't you throw it away?
I don't know. I don't know. I
Give me
just
that goddamn onion ring. No! Tastes like shit, Marvin!
It's 3.5 months old!
Why didn't you tell me?
I did!
I thought you were lying.
What?
Yeah, let me in! There's fucking bugs out here with malaria and Ebola and shit. I gotta talk to you about something.
Okay.
Fuck away from me.
All right, Goodman. What do you want to talk to me about?
I got 2 words for you, Marvin. Possibly 1. Pickleball.
Pickleball? What is that?
It's this new sport I started playing because I'm rich and bored. It's like tennis, but not.
Well, I've never heard of it. How do you play?
Oh, I'll show you. Chives! Get your ass out of the car and bring the pickleball shit! Move that old dick! He's on his way.
Are you sure he can hear you all the way from your car?
Of course he can, Marvin. I have his hearing aids turned all the way up to the point where it's making that humming sound. He can hear an astronaut rub one out on the International Space Station.
I brought your pickleball paddle, sir.
Oh, you did? You think you did a good job, buddy? Mm-hmm. Come here. Where the fuck is the ball?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'll get it right away.
Jesus, I hate him. Well, anyway, Marvin, this right here is the paddle, and I'd show you the ball, but someone doesn't like to do their job. So whenever he decides to, you'll see the ball.
I got the ball, sir.
Oh, you did? Thanks, Chives. Go fucking get it.
Very well, sir.
Sometimes I like to play fetch with my butler, because I have to get his heart rate up so he doesn't die on me.
I got the ball, sir. Here you are.
Oh, thanks, Chives.
Please don't throw it again.
You see it, boy? Go fucking get it!
Oh!
Fucking idiot, I didn't even throw it. He'll be looking for it for a while. But anyway, Marvin, This is the pickleball paddle, and this is the pickleball.
Okay, why are you telling me about this stuff?
Well, because tomorrow there's a tournament for pickleball, and the winner gets $10 million, and I want you to be my partner.
Me be your partner? I've never even heard about this game. I've never played it.
Well, it's just like tennis, but not.
I don't know how to play tennis either.
Well, you can look it up, Marvin. You can learn. You can practice. Be ready for tomorrow, because that's when the tournament is.
I can't be good by tomorrow, Goodman. Find someone else.
No, you can't be good, because it's $10 million. For $10 million, you can do anything, Marvin.
Okay, I'll try, but don't get mad at me if we lose.
I found it, sir.
Did you take that ball out of my car, Chives?
No.
You didn't take that ball? Marvin, do you have a pickleball in your house?
No, I've never owned one in my life.
So, did you take that ball from my car after you couldn't find the ball that I didn't throw?
What? No.
Come on, Chives, let's go check the car. Because there were 4 pickleballs.
I think there were 3.
No, there were definitely 4.
Goodman, I can't get good at this. Oh, God, what am I going to do?
Pickleball is a battle sport.
Hey Marvin, what are you doing? You didn't come to bed last night.
I've been watching 12 hours of pickleball tutorials.
What's pickleball?
I don't fucking know.
Well, why are you doing that?
Because Goodman wants me to play in the tournament, and I really just have to fucking learn how to play it by today.
Hey Marvin, can I borrow some eggs and some jelly and some bacon and some bread and use your toaster? Basically what I'm asking is, can I use your kitchen to make breakfast using your stuff? And if you're out of something, can you go to the store and get it for me?
Sure, I guess. I don't care.
Ooh, pickleball, Marvin? What you know about pickling some balls?
I have no idea what this game is, and I have to learn it by today because I have to play in a tournament.
Well, don't watch that stupid-ass tutorial. I can teach you how to play pickleball. I'm a pickleball master.
Wait, you are?
Oh, yeah, I've been playing...
Hey, Dad, I got a question.
What is it, Jeffy?
Okay, fuck me, I guess. It's not like I was in the middle of a sentence. Go ahead and ask your question.
Can I wipe my ass with paper towels and then flush them down the toilet? Because I did that and now the toilet won't work.
That was an important question.
No, you can't do that, Jeffy. Another pile of paper towels and shit. And I have to do... I'm so stressed out. I can't deal with this. I'm so tired. I have to learn pickleball. Can you please just teach Jeffy how to play pickleball and he can just take my spot?
Sure, I'd love to. Come on.
I'll drink some coffee and then go watch.
All right, Jeffy, this is pickleball. It's a lot like tennis, but it's a lot smaller, and you can only score if you're serving. And I'll warn you, I'm pretty good at pickleball, so let's see how good you are. Okay, now you would think you'd get a point for that, but you don't. Only I can score because I'm serving. And I know that sounds like some bullshit I made up because I'm bad at pickleball, but it's not. Those are the actual rules.
Okay, so it's Jeffy's serve?
Yes.
Okay, Jeffy, it's your serve.
Yeah, go ahead and serve, bitch! Let's see what you got, you pencil-nosed fuck! I am so sorry. I just get really competitive about pickleball. I'll slit your grandma's throat if you win, bitch! See, there I go again, competitive. Go ahead and serve.
Okay.
Fuck you, you fucking cheater! You have to have cheated! There's no fucking way you're that good! Fuck you! I'll kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
Back up.
I'm sorry, Marvin. It's just, he's so fucking good at pickleball. I've never seen anybody that good at pickleball. He should go pro.
Wait, really?
Yeah, he should be in, like, tournaments, like, with the pros.
He was that good?
He's the best pickleball player I've ever seen.
He just served once.
Yeah, but I've never seen somebody serve that good. I mean, that's the only explanation, because I'm great.
Oh, like you're the best.
I'm the best at pickleball.
Okay.
I mean, other than him now.
All right, Jeffy, let's go. Okay, I'm feeling really good knowing I don't have to play pickleball.
Hey Marvin, did Jeffy learn how to play pickleball?
Learn? He didn't need to learn. It's like he already knows how to play pickleball. He's a natural. He's the best pickleball player I've ever seen.
Wow, Jeffy, that's really great to hear. I can't believe you
Hey
learned
Marvin,
so-
you ready to play pickleball?
Actually, I decided I don't actually have to play.
The fuck you don't? I gave you a 12-hour notice. You have to play.
Well, no, I'm just saying I'm not that good because I've never played. But Jeffy, he's a master at pickleball. He'd be a better partner for you because you'd actually win. And I have this guy to vouch for me.
Oh yeah, he's the GOAT. He's like the Wayne Gretzky of pickleball. He's the Michael Jordan of pickleball. He's the Babe Ruth of pickleball.
Really?
Oh yeah, he's the greatest pickleball player I've ever seen.
Okay, because I'm going to bet my entire fortune on this pickleball tournament, so you guys better be right about this.
Oh, don't do that.
No, I'd do that. I mean, you got nothing to worry about.
No, I don't.
That's a sure thing.
Shut up, Marvin. Let's go, guys.
I'll stay here. Hello and welcome to the pickleball tournament!
Yes, I have 2 people that are signed up to play.
Well, you know, the winner gets $10 million!
Oh, we know.
And you already paid the $100,000 entrance fee, correct?
Yeah, I paid it online.
Let me just check. Yep, you're right here. And you even agreed to our non-refundable policy.
Yeah, that's fine, because I know we're going to win.
Well, unfortunately, only one of you can play.
What? It's 2v2.
Well, normally it is, but we only have one other contestant, and that's LeBron James.
LeBron James plays pickleball?
Yep, he's the best.
Okay, well, where's the pickleball net? I don't see it.
It's right there.
That's a basketball net.
What's the matter, son? You never played pickleball? Hey, LeBron.
Sprite cranberry?
Teach this fool how to play some pickleball.
Oh, you wanna play pickleball?
Is that a jar of pickles?
Dunk that shit, LeBron! That's how you play pickleball!
That's not fucking pickleball!
Yes, it is. It's just like basketball, but with a jar of pickles. And no dribbling, of course, for obvious reasons.
Well, I'm not gonna play LeBron James in pickleball!
Well, you already signed up, and it's non-refundable.
Marvin, this is all your fault!
What, my fault? You're the one who came to us with this stupid dumb pickleball idea.
But you didn't read the fine print!
Well, yeah, I didn't sign up for this shit. You should have read it and found out there was not actual pickleball.
Well, I'm not playing, so Jar Jar Binks here can play. It's okay, Danny, I got this shit.
Oh my god. Okay, fine. Jeffy will play LeBron James in pickleball.
Okay, it's time for tip-off. Okay, first one to 3 jaws in the net wins. Ready, set, pickleball.
Give me that shit!
1 jar LeBron.
Marvin, you said he was good!
An actual fucking pickleball, not whatever the fuck this is.
Where you going, little boy? Where you going? Oh, you suck ass like my son.
Oh, rim job.
Marvin, he's ruining my bank account! You're gonna give me a rim job tonight if he loses this game!
You think you can block me? You little nigga, you little. Watch this. Green fuck, nigga.
Yeah, bitch!
Oh, point for LeBron. That's 2-0.
But no, the jar shattered when it hit the rim.
It doesn't matter. All the pickles went through the net, so it counts.
Marvin, if Jeffy loses this game, I'm gonna eat your dick like a pickle!
What you gonna do? You down by 2.
I'm gonna shoot a 3!
Oh, it's no 3-pointer in street pickleball. You gotta shoot from here, and it's a 2-pointer.
Okay, well that.
I'm all in your face. You can't shoot. You can't shoot.
Fuck yeah!
No way! Ooh, lucky shot. Oh, I'm about to end this shit, helmet boy. Ow! Foul! Ref, where's my call? Free throw! Free throw!
That's bullshit!
Foul! Reaching in. LeBron gets 1 free throw. This could end it, folks.
Thank you! Step back, little man. I'm about to end it in 1 free throw. About to be a champion. Damn it! I thought it was a basketball. I'm used to basketballs. I was doing a warm-up dribble. Look, give me another try.
Sorry, LeBron. We're all out of small jars. You're going to have to use the big one.
How'd the pickleball tournament go?
Put your pickle right there, Marvin.
Did you really bet your entire fortune?
Of course not! I'm not fucking stupid. I only bet 10 million, so put your pickle right there.
Marvin, what are you doing?
It's a baby dill. Soggy little fucker. Ow!
The cow goes moo, and the pig goes oink, and the dog goes woof, and the snake goes, and the snake goes, Marvin, the snake goes, and the sheep goes,
Jimmy, what are you doing?
I'm practicing my bat swing so I can play baseball and get paid $100 million. And if I'm really good and I eat my food with chopsticks and I'm good at math and have a tiny wiener, then I'll get paid $700 million.
Practice somewhere else.
Marvin, will you pass me the frog?
Yeah, I'll get to the frog.
Get up, bitch!
Oh my god, Marvin, are you okay?
Mommy, I think I killed Daddy.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go get a doctor!
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, Jeffy hit Marvin in the face.
Ooh, a puzzle. Oh, I love these things. The frog goes... Well, that actually depends on the species of frog. You know, every frog sounds different. This looks like it could be Rhoniclamatans. Although, now that I'm really looking at it, I think it's Lithobates catusbianus. Yep, that's what it is. The Lithobates catusbianus goes...
The shit that's in my diaper goes...
You missing a chicken.
Yes, I know, but can you please help Marvin? Jeffy hit him in the face with a baseball bat.
There's always something going on around here.
Is Marvin gonna be okay?
Well, he might have a concussion.
Is that bad?
Nah, the Miami Dolphins quarterback gets him all the time. He seems to love it.
I want a brother.
Huh?
Jeffy, you can't have a brother.
Oh, really? Not letting them have black friends in 2024? What's wrong with you?
What?
Martin Luther King had a dream.
That's not what he's talking about.
Oh, you mean like a brother? I thought you meant like a brother, you know, like a homie. Well, listen, kid, that's not going to happen either. Not unless your mom starts giving it up, which, according to Marvin's texts, she's not.
Excuse me?
All I'm saying is maybe give the man some poo-poo every now and then.
Can you please just help Marvin out?
That's what I'm trying to do. He's starving for some poo-poo.
With the concussion.
I don't know, try giving her some poo-poo.
I want your poo-poo.
Well, listen, I think we're all getting distracted. The best way you could possibly get something like a brother is making friends, but who has time for that? So I think the only thing logical to do would be to clone yourself, which I don't usually do, because that involves a toaster oven, and that's not my machine. But I do have something that might help. Let me get it. Eureka, the clone gun!
What's it do?
Well, you see, scientists all over the world have been trying to make a clone machine so they can clone organs for organ transplants or to clone food to end world hunger, but I think that's stupid. I think it'd be cool if you had like a really hot nurse and you wanted to have a threesome with her, so you cloned her and you had a threesome with her and the clone. And then it wouldn't be weird like if they were twins, because then it would be incest and that would be gross. But if it's just her and her clone, then there's nothing wrong with that. But see, the problem is whenever I've done it, the clone doesn't want to do it, because she's always like, well, I'm not gay for myself. So then whenever I clone the girl, I tell her, try to think about being gay for yourself. I'll explain why in a second. But then every time I do it, the clone still doesn't want to have the threesome, and I'm starting to think the girl I'm cloning doesn't want to do the threesome either. Anyway, what I was saying is, the flaw with this machine is whatever you're thinking about when I clone you, that's how your clone's going to act. So if you're thinking about funny jokes, then your clone's going to tell funny jokes, or maybe just that one joke over and over again. And if you think about scary stuff, then your clone's going to be scary. So what you should do is think about however you want your brother to be, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Pew!
Help me, stepbrother. I'm stuck. Stick in my pooper.
What were you thinking about?
The hub.
Oh. Well, see, the cool thing about this clone gun is if you turn it this way, you can beat the clone to death and start over. Okay, now, what you should do is think about how you really want your brother to act. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. Pew!
Hello.
Hi, Jeffy, what were you thinking about?
World domination!
I'm going to go take over the world!
Okay, so let's try again, and this time don't think about that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Pew! Oh, damn it, I'm all out of cologne.
What's the cologne for?
Well, the clone machine runs on cologne.
What kind of cologne?
Axe body spray. Does anybody have any Axe body spray? No? Oh yeah, I forgot. We're not in a middle school boys' locker room. Well, I guess that's it. You have an evil clone on the loose, and Marvin should be awake by now. I'm getting a little worried about that. We probably should have addressed that first. And I will send my bill in the mail.
Oh my God, look, the news!
Breaking news, MK! An evil doctor scientist that is now for sale on SMLmerch.com, link in the description, is threatening to poison the world's water supply. We have an exclusive video of that now.
I've done it! I've finally done it! With this, I can finally poison the world's water supply with nuclear piss. And the best part is, no one can stop me!
Whoa, somebody should really stop him.
Wait, aren't you a cop?
No, I'm a doctor. What the hell? How did that happen?
Go stop him!
Okay, fine. You know, I really thought this job was gonna be me handing out speeding tickets and abusing my power. But now I gotta do responsibilities. Ugh.
Now, how am I going to poison the whole world's water supply? I could either dump all the nuclear piss into the river, or I could rob a bank and then use all the stolen money from the bank at a gas station to buy all their bottles of water. Then I'll use the nuclear piss to poison the water bottles and hand them out to hurricane relief victims. It's perfect!
Hello, welcome to the bank. How may I help you?
Yes, I would like to withdraw $20 million from my bank account, please.
From checkings or savings?
Move out of my way! You're gonna give me all the money in this bank or die!
Sir, please, I'm gonna need you to take a number and wait your turn.
I'm sorry, what?
Take a number and wait your turn.
I am holding a firearm in front of your face. You do know that, right?
This is bulletproof glass.
Oh, we'll see about that! Well, I will, go sit in the lobby and wait my turn.
Thank you.
I can't believe I have to wait! I don't have time for this! I'm trying to take over the world!
Yeah, tell me about it. I hate the bank.
Number 53?
Number 53? But that's bullshit! I'm number 49! Number 49 comes before number 53!
Sorry, man.
Hello, sir. How may I help you today?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask about opening up a money market account.
Oh, yes, of course. Well, first we'll...
Just kidding, give me all your money!
Ha, this is bulletproof glass.
Oh, sorry. Actually, can you just come down here for a
Oh,
second?
sorry, what was that?
Give me the money!
Oh my god, you take it!
Yeah, that's right. You see this face? This is the face of the man that's robbing you. Never forget this face!
Oh, come on! I was gonna do that!
Sorry, man.
Next, number 49. Yes, 911, someone just robbed the bank!
Give me the rest of the money in the bank!
Sir, please, I'm on the phone.
Oh, sorry. Take your time.
Sorry, 911, that was just a rude customer. Yes, someone just robbed the bank! Thank you! How may I help you?
Give me the rest of the money in the bank! Give it to me!
We don't have any money! He stole it all!
How much money is in my account?
You don't have an account with us, sir.
Don't have an account. I would like to open an account!
Alright, we're offering a $20 sign-up bonus if you're military.
No.
Well, is anyone in your family military?
No.
Would you like to still open an account?
Sure.
Alright, you need $5 deposit to start a checking.
Oh, come on! I don't have $5! Why do you think I'm robbing a bank? Yes, a gas station. There has to be money here.
Give me all the money in the register.
Ah, don't shoot! Come on, man. Didn't you get enough money from the bank?
Yeah, you're right. You can have this one.
Thank you. Give me all the money in the register.
Is that a Nerf gun?
Hey, man, can I borrow your real gun?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank you. Give me all the money in the register!
Okay, please don't shoot. I have a family.
Yeah, that's more like it.
Okay, here you go.
What is this?
Well, business at the gas station has been slow lately.
All right, well, I'm gonna go shopping, and you stay right there.
Okay.
Can I have my gun back?
Oh, sure. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna buy cases of water so I can poison them. Let's see, how much money do I have? 20, 30, $45. Hey, how much is a case of water?
$7.99.
Damn! $7.99? For that price, you're robbing me! Let's see, $7.99 a case. I have $45. That means I can get 5 cases. Hold on, I have 4 more.
That's okay. Take your time. That's a lot of water.
Damn, this is heavy. I'm very thirsty.
Yeah, I can see that.
You guys don't want to help, huh?
Nope.
Okay, how much?
Oh, let me see. That'll be $39.95.
Here.
All right, thank you.
Now give me the money that he just gave you.
Oh, darn it. Here you go.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I could have done that the whole time. I could have bought so much more water.
Have a nice day.
Finally, my plan to take over the world is almost complete. Now all I have to do is finish poisoning all these water bottles and then hand them out to hurricane relief victims. And some for you. And some for you. And some for you.
What the fuck is he talking to?
Yes. And
Hey, stop it.
oh no, the police! Well, you're too late. I've already started poisoning the world's water supply.
Okay, 5 cases of water is not the world's water supply.
Yeah, well, it's going to be once I save up more money and buy more water.
Why don't you just steal the water? You know, you being evil and all.
Stealing water? Well, I mean, that's just plain wrong.
You're trying to poison people. That seems pretty mean.
So?
How do you even know if that piss is poisonous?
Oh, you don't believe that this is poison. Well, allow me to prove it to you. Is that enough poison for you, huh? Is it
Wow, that was really easy.
Well, I did it. I killed him.
Wow, you're really good at your job.
Thank you. You know, not enough people tell me that.
Oh, what is going on?
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. You missed the whole video.
Really? What happened?
Oh, nothing much. Just Jeffy got cloned. His clone turned out to be evil, and he tried to take over the world by poisoning the world's water supply.
Wait, really?
Yeah, but don't worry. His clone is,
Dead?
No, he's for sale on smlmerch.com. Link in the description. Yeah. The Lithobates Catus Bienus goes...
one no lap dance, bitch. Give me nugget, give me nugget. All right, pros. This Saturday night, we're gonna be having a school dance. We're gonna be boogie woogieing, twerking, and throwing that shit back. So make sure you have a date, because if you don't, you are a loser.
Oh man, a school dance? That's lame as hell. We're too old for that. And who wants to go to school on a Saturday night anyways? We could be playing video games.
Yeah, Saturday night's when we play Fortnite.
Yeah.
A school dance? That's so cool! I want to go. Junior, you have to take me because you're my boyfriend.
I can't. Me, Joseph, and Cody are gonna run trios on Fortnite.
Actually, me and Ken are gonna go to the dance.
What, you're gonna go to the dance?
Yay.
Well, yeah, I want to see Ken's wop, wet-ass plastic.
So he is a doll.
No, he's not a doll. He's just got so much Botox, it's like plastic.
Junior, so you're not going to take me?
Me and Joseph can run duos. Cody holds us back anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Well, fine then. I'm just going to go by myself then.
You're gonna go to a dance all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Bros before hoes. I'll see you on Fortnite, Joseph.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Hey, Penelope.
Hey, Patrick.
Do you guys have someone to go to the dance with?
No, I don't.
Really? I thought you and Junior were dating.
Me too.
Well, since you're not, you want to go to the dance with me?
Yes, Patrick. I would love to.
Yay!
Damn, dude. Never in a million years where I thought I'd see the day that Patrick's still your bitch. Wow. 2025 is starting out crazy.
You can't go to a dance with another man while dating me. That's cheating. Cody, is that cheating? Check the book.
Okay, I'll check the book, Junior.
Can she go to a dance with another man?
See, I don't see it, Junior. I'm looking.
Keep looking.
Junior, you didn't want to go. I did. Patrick asked me, so I said yes. We're just going as friends.
As friends? Cody, read her the rule about women having male friends.
It says women cannot have male friends.
What?
Article 4.
Article 4 says no man would be friends with a woman unless he thinks there's a possibility he might be able to sleep with her.
What kind of insecure asshole wrote that book? We're just friends, Junior.
Article 5.
Article 5 says if she defends the man, that means she's definitely cheating, or she's keeping him in her back pocket so she can cheat later.
You guys, it's Patrick. He's special.
Special? She just called him special! Cody, read her Article 7 about pet names.
Pet names. It says if she says he's special or like a brother, they've been friends since they were kids, that means she's definitely cheating.
Yeah, so you know what? I don't want you going to the dance with Patrick, so I will go to the dance with you.
No, Junior, I can't do that to him. I can't break his heart.
Wait, you care about breaking his heart? You care about his feelings? Oh my god, Cody, read her the article about feelings.
I'll be honest with you guys, this is just a science textbook. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Junior,
Book doesn't lie.
if you want to go to the dance, then you can come and you can dance with us there. How about that?
What, dance with you? I'm not gonna be a part of y'all stupid love triangle where you get your cake and eat it too. I'm not gonna be that. It's only me or him, and you gotta pick.
Junior, you're so insecure. I'm not having this conversation with you. Go if you want. I'm going with Patrick.
What? The book? Cody, check the book, please. That's all cheating.
Guys, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. This is just like planets and shit.
Hey, loser, do you have a date to the dance?
No, because he's so ugly.
That's right.
Hey, bitch, those horizontal scars on your wrist are just for attention. Go vertical next time and do us all a favor.
Yeah, well, you're just mad because you don't have a date to the dance.
I actually do have a date to the dance, in fact.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'll believe that when I see it.
Well, you won't be seeing my face there because she'll be sitting on it like a dog scratching his ass on the carpet.
Oh, yeah? Well, what's her name?
Stinky fuckerhead 439.5.
Yeah, sounds made up.
No, she just goes to a different school. Wham, boo-hoo, cry.
What's wrong, Jeffy? How was school?
Hey, there's a school dance this Saturday night, and this kid was making fun of me saying that I didn't have a date to the dance, but I told him that I did have a date. So if I show up to the dance without a date, then he's gonna make fun of me and call me a loser.
Aw, Jeffy, are there any girls in your class you could ask to go with?
No!
Baby, he's 20 years old. All the girls in his class are 15.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, if he looks at one of them wrong, he's going to jail. All right, so you told this kid that you have a date to the dance.
Yeah?
Okay, did you explain, like, what she looks like?
No, but I did tell him her name.
Okay, what's the name you said?
Stinky fuckerhead 439.5.
Well, it looks like there's no problem here because he knows that name is made up.
No, he doesn't. He believed me, and he said that he would see me and her at the dance.
He's not going to see you there at the dance with a girl named that because there's no girl named that. Why would you think of that name out of all the girl names in the world? Why'd you say that?
Well, because it was the only girl name I could think of.
That's not a girl's name.
That's rude, Daddy. It's not her fault that her parents got a divorce and that she has 2 different last names.
So you've met a girl with that name?
Yes.
No, you haven't. What's her last name?
439.5.
What's her first name?
Stinky fuckerhead.
No, it's not, Jeffy. Stop making it up.
I'm not making it up. It's real.
Okay, you know what? Why don't we just download Tinder or Hinge and find some random girl to go to the dance with them?
Marvin, no. Girls on those apps are just looking for hookups.
What was the name of those apps again?
Okay, well, how about we just hire a girl to go to the dance with him?
No, Marvin, we're not getting him an escort.
Jeffy's prostitution problem.
Marvin, we can't call the video that.
We're not gonna call the video. That's not what we're doing. Why don't we just hire a girl to go by whatever the hell name he just said, and she goes to dance, dances, and then she leaves. Why can't we just hire a girl to do that?
Slide her a 20 and she might do something freaky.
I don't get no freaky. Just go to the dance so you don't look like a loser. Look, I can just call my friend the Love Doctor.
Oh, that's a good idea, Daddy.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, my son.
My retired brother Bill will need a date to dance.
What is he talking about?
My son Jeffy needs a date to the school dance, so we called you.
Oh, well, I'm very flattered, but I am unhappily married. Also, I'm not really into dudes, so no can do.
Well, no, like I'm talking about like he needs a date to the school dance.
Oh, he needs a date to the school dance, huh?
Yeah, and you're a doctor, so I thought maybe you're like a love doctor.
What the fuck is a love doctor?
Like someone who like gets someone dates?
No, I'm just like a regular doctor. I mean, if you need help donating sperm, I can do that.
Well, I donate a lot of that to the toilet and also the floor around it because I miss my hand. And sometimes when I'm edging, I can hit the back of the wall, and I might JFK a bitch if she ain't careful.
But I just need you to help me find him a date to the school dance.
You know, I knew a guy who never needed a date to the dance because he always had one. Yep, always has a date to the dance, Lance. Let me tell you about him. So when I was in high school, we had school dances like homecoming and prom, and everyone would ask girls out trying to get dates to the dance. But there was this one kid who never had to worry about getting a date to the dance. Always had a date to the dance, Lance. You see, Lance was rolling in dates. Every time a school dance was coming up, all the girls in school would tell guys no because they were hoping Lance would take them to the dance. I asked so many girls to the dance in the craziest ways, and they still said no, hoping for a chance to the dance with Lance. I hired an airplane advertisement company to fly a banner asking a girl out, and she said no. I had the chorus class sing to a girl in class, and she still said no. And I even had the lunch lady spell it with french fries for a girl, and she said no. No one had a chance against Lance. Me and all the other guys were pissed. We would go to the dance without dates, and all the girls took one glance at Lance, and they were in a trance. And the dance was themed like France. I knew I had to stop this nonsense, so I put ants in Lance's pants, but it just enhanced his dance. So then, I pantsed Lance while he danced. Turns out he had a huge dong. He began to prance with it dragging behind him, and then Lance was expelled after that for refusing to pull up his pants. But I heard Lance has a degree in finance, and he loves plants. So yeah, all he has to do is be like Lance, and he'll have too many dates to the dance.
Okay, but he's not Lance.
I mean, he's kind of Lance.
Oh, listen, is there any way you can help us find him a date, even if we have to pay her?
Like an escort?
No.
Jeffy's prostitution bamboozle.
Marvin!
No, listen, is there any nice girls that you know?
I mean, I do pap smear, so I know the good ones. I mean, that's probably a HIPAA violation, but I smear some pap now. Smear the shit out some pap. Yeah, like jelly on toast. Yeah, see, down at the hospital, they call me Papa Smurf, because I'm the Papa Smurf of pap smears. Right up there with Marcanus and Marcellus Pap, the Wright brothers of pap smears. They invented it. Before them, it was just a pap poke, but they invented the smear.
Oh, listen, can you help us or not? Get him a date.
I think I know a girl. I'll be right back.
Hey there! Brooklyn guy said you needed a date to the dance. He's the best doctor ever. He does my pap smears. I call him Papa Pig because he fixed my muddy puddles.
Well, ma'am, it's nice to meet you. Is there any way we could pay you to go on a date with our son?
Yeah, for the right amount of money. What's my name supposed to be?
Stinky fucker 439.5.
What?
I mean, I prefer Brooke.
No.
Okay.
Well, listen, all you have to do is take him to the dance and then bring him right home.
Yeah, I can do that.
Hey, Daddy, slide her a 20. I want to get freaky.
No, Jeffy, there's no freaky. Look, just go to the dance with her and impress your friends.
All right, Daddy, but if the Red River's flowing, I want to take the dirt road home.
Well, the dirt road's pretty much your only option.
I really hope they have a good time.
Me too.
Give it up for DJ Chopstick! How many YNs in this bitch? Where my shooters at?
Get your balls off my shoulder.
Hey guys, look, my date's here.
Whoa, look at that, honey. He actually has a date.
L.
Her name is Stinky Fucker 439.5.
Or Brooke. You could just call me Brooke.
Look at that, honey. She has a mustache.
It's actually not a mustache. It's a Cleveland steamer I gave her on the car on the way over here.
Well, actually, that would be a dirty Sanchez. A Cleveland steamer's where you shit on their chest.
I did that too.
Ugh, they're freaks.
Actually, I'm gonna do 4 in the stink, none in the pink. Straight punch an asshole.
Ugh, let's get out of here, honey.
Gross.
Look at that! You did it! You made them think I'm cool!
Yeah, we really showed them.
Started stinker time?
No. When do I get paid?
This is fun, Penelope.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me, Patrick.
I'm so happy you said yes to going to the dance with me.
Me too.
Hey, you want to see what dance as fast as I can?
Sure. Patrick, your pants fell off.
Uh-oh, we know a lot.
Hey, Penelope, I just wanted to come to the dance and see. What? You have Patrick's pants off? You took his pants off?
No, he just danced his pants off.
Get away from my girl.
Ow!
Oh, you ever take your pants off in front of my girlfriend like that?
You want to go, bitch?
Oh my god, oh my god! He got me his winners out!
this is, a ditty potty?
We're back, and someone's pooper is sore, and it's not mine.
Okay, so how'd the date go?
Oh, it was great. Everyone at the dance was so jealous.
Well, I don't know about that, but he did show up with a date who had that ridiculous name.
Okay, well, here's the $20 we owe you.
Thank you. Haha, suckers! It was me the whole time!
What? You look just like a lady!
Dude, look like a lady! Yeah, that.
Well, what about all that shit we did in the car?
Literally.
Well, so, like, everything went fine? I mean, you look just like a woman. Like, what happened?
Well, I think you got the gist of it. Everything went fine. But word of advice, if you ever shit on someone's chest again, make sure it's not diarrhea.
It was solid at first!
Hey guys, I want you to try my new chicken Alfredo recipe and tell me it's delicious, because I know it is.
Oh God, why does it smell like that?
Are you sure that's chicken?
Alright, you got me. There was a dead bird in the roll, but I didn't want it to go to waste, so I scraped the feathers off and then I scraped the maggots off too, and I threw it in the Alfredo mix.
Oh, don't birds have diseases?
No, not if you boil it correctly, and I'm a professional boiler. I always score 300 when I boil.
I don't get it.
I said professional boiler, so it sounds like professional bowler.
Oh, bowling.
Yeah, you get it live now. I like that.
Well, I hope your food's better than your jokes.
Oh, it's way better, so try that shit.
Can I try it?
No, Jeffy, let the adults try it first.
I'm 20. At what age in your mind is it that I'm an adult?
When you start acting like one. Exactly. All right, let's all try it. Like, let's just all eat out of the bowl.
Marvin, I don't want to.
You have to try it.
Okay.
Better try that food.
So yummy.
How is it? Delicious, right?
It's so good, Jeffy.
That's what I'm talking about. I know that shit good. You ain't gotta tell me like that. What? I got psychic powers. My shit's always good.
Oh God. Oh God, I'm so sick.
Me too, Marvin.
I gotta use the bucket.
Marvin, get out of the way. I gotta go.
Why are you guys throwing up in my trick-or-treat bucket?
Because, Jeffy, we're so sick.
Why don't you throw up in the toilet like an adult?
Wait, Jeffy, if you ate the food, why aren't you sick?
Oh, I didn't actually eat it. I just went num 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 num. Or you can keep throwing up in my trick-or-treat bucket.
Can you please call the doctor, Jeffy?
What's his number?
911.
That's too many numbers to remember.
911.
She already forgot it.
I'll call a doctor.
Oh, you got it? Good.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor? Ew, why are you throwing up in a trick-or-treat bucket?
That's what I want to know.
Oh, doctor, we ate some bad food and we think we got food poisoning.
Wait, if you already know what's wrong with you, why did you call me?
Well, we wanted you to fix the food poisoning.
Oh, well, there's not really much I can do for food poisoning. But you know, whenever I was a kid and I felt sick, my grandma always used to rub my tum-tum and sing me the Tum Tum Feel Better song, even though she was tone-deaf and had no rhythm. Hold on, let me rub your tum-tum. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub your tum-tum, feel better now. Tum-tum, please, feel better now. Do you feel better now? Oh, well, you must be really sick if the Tum Tum Feel Better song didn't work.
Well, I got a song that I can sing you that'll maybe make you feel better. My gooch is pink, my booty hole brown. I also have toilet paper crumbs hanging from my asshole. Gooch, gooch, gooch. Well, I guess that didn't work.
Oh, God, what is in this?
Chef Pee-Pee said he found a dead bird on the side of the road and took the maggots off and cooked it.
And you still ate it?
But we didn't want to make him feel bad.
He made you feel bad. I'm gonna go yell at the chef.
Chef Pee-Pee, how you do it? Another masterpiece.
Hey, are you the one who cooked this poison?
You mean this work of art? Yeah, I did that. Guilty as charged.
Yeah, well, you're making people sick.
What? Sick of eating normal food? Yeah, I understand. Because once they taste this masterpiece, they only want excellence.
No, they only want edible food because this shit isn't edible.
My food is edible. What the hell are you talking about?
Your food is making people throw up.
They're throwing up because they wanted to taste it again. You know, I didn't make enough the first time.
Listen, man, anyone could cook better than you.
What? Nobody can cook better than Chef Pee-Pee. I'm the top chef. You think you can cook better than me?
Oh, I absolutely could cook better than you.
Oh, hell must have frozen over.
Oh, yeah? Well, guess what? The devil just called, and he says he needs a jacket.
Talk your shit then. Pull out there. Fuck,
I'm pulled up, dog. I'm here.
Oh, you really pulling up? Oh, you talking your shit? You spitting in my face, ugly ass boy?
Yeah, I'm pulled up, dog.
Well, I could be a pussy-ass doctor.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm not just a doctor. I'm a cop. I'm a firefighter. I'm a lawyer. I do all kinds of shit.
Pussy, and more pussy.
Okay, well, I've seen Ratatouille. Anyone can cook.
Hey, Ratatouille ain't a real-ass movie. It ain't about a fucking chef with a rat in his hat. That's not real. There's no rats in my hat. You see it? It's flopping anyway.
No, I don't see any rats in your hat, but I'm sure I can cook better than you.
No, the hell you can't. Look, give me your outfit. I could be a better doctor than you.
Yeah, okay, I'll give you my whole fucking wardrobe, even though that would be in violation of the medical board, and I'd probably lose my license and go to jail. I'm still trying to prove a point.
Yeah, I hope you ain't. I hope you are. You give me your damn outfit, punk. Chef Pee got his degree. I'm a doctor in this biz.
You don't have a degree and you don't know what you're doing.
I've seen plenty of Grey's Anatomy. I know what the hell I'm doing.
Oh God, why does your outfit smell like shit?
You smell like the shit when you water shit.
Or maybe it's moldy ravioli.
Look, I didn't get a chance to wash my outfit. Hey, call me when you give up, because I'm about to go and be a gynecologist. Spray them lips and cup, baby.
Yeah, well, it doesn't smell as good as it sounds. I'll clean all this shit up.
Oh, doctor, thank God you're here. The patients are lining up. Wait, who are you? Where's Dr. Guy?
Dr. Guy quit. He said he ain't about this lifestyle, so you got the next best thing. Dr. PP.
Well, are you qualified?
Overly qualified. What the hell are you talking about? Don't you see the stethoscope around my neck? I went to Harvard State Community College of Education. Go Bulldogs!
Wait, aren't the Bulldogs Yale?
Shut the hell up before I yell in your face.
Okay.
Alright, so where's my first patient? Let's get this doctor shit over with.
Mr. Johnson is your patient.
You said Mr. Johnson. Isn't that a penis?
Isn't your name Pee-Pee?
Alright, you got a point. Hey, Mr. Johnson, how you doing? Or should I say Mr. Penis?
My balls hurt. Can you grab them and tell me if I'm gonna die?
What? I'm not grabbing your balls, fruity ass. What is he talking about?
You gotta give him a testicular exam.
Fuck no, I'm not giving him no testicular exam. I came here for the women. What? No. I didn't come here for that, ma'am.
You also gotta check his prostate for cancer.
What?
I need you to stick your finger in my ass.
No! Fuck no! I'm not checking your ass. No, I don't want poop on my hands. What the hell is wrong with you? You do it, please.
I gotta see another patient.
No, you can't run off like that.
Who's sticking their finger in my ass, goddammit?
Oh, fuck no. I'm not sticking any fingers in your ass. Look, take this and just fill it up for me in the bathroom.
What do I fill it up with?
Use your imagination.
Can I think about Betsy Ross while I do it?
Think about Jesus Christ. I don't care who. Go!
There, no more dead birds. See, that wasn't so hard.
Chef BB, where's your ugly face?
Hey there, somebody call a chef?
Wait, you dyed your hair orange? Ew, that's ugly. It looks gay.
What? Okay, that was rude. This is just what I look like. Ow! What the fuck, man? Why'd you hit me?
It looks ugly. You shouldn't have dyed your hair.
Okay, and you don't like my hair, so you hit me?
Yeah, I used my fists to express my emotions.
What, assault and rude? Who even are you?
I'm your owner.
I'm sorry, what, my owner?
Yes, you are my personal slave, so make me some Boyardee, Chef Boyardee.
Okay, can you say please?
No!
Ow, what the, stop hitting me!
You stop talking back to me and make my fucking ravioli!
Oh, Jesus, okay. God, why is he so mean? Now where is that Chef Boyardee?
Chef, be locked in the closet.
Let me out of here!
No! Admit you scratch your butt and sniff it.
I don't! Let me out!
Butt liquor. Chef, be licks butts. Hey, pussy tongue of butts.
If I don't eat this Chef Boyardee, I'm gonna die.
Oh, hey, Chef Pee-Pee, you dyed your hair orange?
I'm not Chef Pee-Pee.
He doesn't think he's Chef Pee-Pee anymore. He's transitioning.
Oh my God, does he have boobs?
What? No, I'm a guy.
Oh, he's one of those guys that identifies as a girl, identifies as a guy.
Oh my God, so confused.
No, I'm just a guy.
Yeah, just be a guy. You don't have to be a guy, want to be a girl, be a guy.
Mind.
I don't know. I just have to make this fucking Chef Boyardee.
I don't want Chef Boyardee. I want mac and cheese.
Well, I'm making it for the other guy.
What other guy? Oh, you're already seeing another guy, so you're gay.
No, goddammit, no, the guy who hits me.
Well, at least he did come out of the closet.
Wow, he's in an abusive relationship.
This is a pantry. That doesn't even make sense. Look, I gotta make this.
Oh, okay. Will he make me mac and cheese also?
I will make it after.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Nobody says please around here. Okay, I just need a pot to put it in. Okay, take that there. And then I just gotta put this on high. Now, just gotta pour the can in there. No problem. What the fuck? What the fuck, man?
You spilled it over because I moved the pot.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm pissed off.
Say you want your pot back.
I do want my pot back.
He's a pothead. He wants pot.
He has an addiction.
What are you, like 50? Who says pot?
You smoke weed. Admit it.
I did in college.
He's a weed smoker.
He's a weed head.
What the fuck is wrong with you kids? Why are you doing this? You're just trying to be assholes?
Yeah, it's funny and we're bored.
Okay, well go outside if you're bored.
It's dark.
Then play video games. I don't care. Leave me alone.
Will you make us mac and cheese?
Not now. I gotta clean this shit up.
I want mac and cheese.
Okay, I will make the mac and cheese if you shut up.
It's burning.
I'm aware. God damn it.
He doesn't know how to cook.
I gotta clean this shit up. And I gotta start all over. Fucking hot.
Chef BB's, my Chef Boyardee ready?
Not exactly.
What the hell? hell? You missed the whole damn pot! Oh, you like making messes, dumbass?
Don't hit me, okay? It was a little asshole kid. He came in here and he pulled the pot away.
That's my asshole son. No one gets to call him an asshole but me! Oh, now this is coming out of your paycheck.
What, my paycheck? I thought I was a slave.
Well, now it's coming out of your rations.
My rations? I don't even know what that means.
That means I hope you saved up for the winter, dumbass.
What, am I supposed to be stockpiling food like a bear? What am I, the bear from over the hedge?
I don't know. Oh, I lost my appetite now. I don't even want Chef Boyardee. I want a steak.
Wait, if you lost your appetite, why do you want more food?
Because I lost it and I found a bigger one. Even better one. Now I want a 5-star meal with a nice steak and maybe some flan to make it fancy.
How do you go from Chef Boyardee to steak?
Because I found a bigger meal, a bigger appetite. Look, just make my meal. You're asking too many damn questions. You got 5 minutes to make it or you're gonna die.
That's impossible.
Well, nothing's impossible with Kim Possible.
I'm not Kim Possible.
You have red hair like her, so get the fucking cooking.
It's gonna take like 2 minutes to clean this shit up.
Well, get the cleaning then.
All right, doctor, here's your next patient, Miss Barbara.
You can call me Babs. Now, where's my son Brookie? He always does my colonoscopies because I don't trust any other doctor to do it. They always try sleeping with me when I'm out.
I find that hard to believe.
Now, hello, big boy. Aren't you just the finest piece of caramel I've ever seen? What's your name?
They call me Dr. Pee-Pee.
Oh, I wonder what your ancestors did to get that name, huh? I sure like to find out.
Look, I'm just here to be professional, okay? What is the colonoscopy again, nurse?
It's where you take a camera to check out the colon.
Yep, that's right. But for you don't have to use a camera because you can use your tongue. Just get all up in there. And FYI, BTW, TMI, I didn't do the prep this morning. And I did have a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle, so if you taste like a polyp in my ass, then it's just a hash brown left over.
Not my proudest moment. God forgive me. Nurse, can you get out of here while I do this colonoscopy, please?
But doctor, you don't have the instruments.
Get the hell out. Right now.
Okay.
I need to do this.
Now undress me, big boy. Fuck.
I regret nothing.
What'd you say your name was again?
Dr. Pee-Pee.
Well, they should call you Dr. Salad Tosser.
I am a chef.
No shit.
Sir, I just got off the phone with Harvard State Community College of Education, home of the Bulldogs. They've never heard of you.
Wait, you're not a doctor?
No.
Okay, I think everything looks good. Okay, everybody, dinner's ready.
And it better look good, too. Oh my God. This looks amazing! And it smells good too! What the hell are you on? Is this magic or something? You trying to kill me?
No, I'm just trying to make you happy.
Well, damn it, you did it today!
Chef Pee-Pee, you put my mac and cheese in the shape of a heart!
And he put broccoli around it so your fat ass can eat healthy!
And look, I made you a chocolate lava cake.
Man, I love chocolate. You know everything about me, huh?
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, ever since you dyed your hair orange, you got better at cooking.
Yeah, sure did.
I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna pay you $20 for all your damn hard work.
Oh, thank you.
Don't spend it all in one place.
We should make Chef Pee-Pee cook like this every night.
I know, this actually looks good. Damn it.
Beat him every time he doesn't cook like this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna beat him a lot.
Okay, now I just have to move all this before they see it.
Hey!
Hey, what's going on, man? What the hell happened to my clothes?
Oh, I was such a good doctor and all the nurses thought I was super hot. They started ripping my clothes off. I couldn't keep my clothes on. Hey, smell my breath.
Smells like ass.
Exactly. I'm a very, very nasty individual.
Okay.
Yeah. So how was being a chef?
Oh, so easy. I just made a big steak dinner, no problem.
Wait, a steak dinner and they're still alive?
Oh, yeah, they loved it. It was great.
Wow, I'm actually surprised. You know what? I'm tired of being a doctor. I had too much fun, but I'm ready to be a chef again.
Yeah, being a chef was so easy. I need a challenge. I gotta go back to doing brain surgeries,
You mean grabbing old people's balls?
No, I never did that.
You don't have to lie. Look, I'm gonna go and hop in the shower. Leave my outfit on the counter.
Okay, well, I can't believe he actually managed to be a doctor all day. Wait, my mother had a colonoscopy today. Ew.
Class, today you're gonna write a 250-word essay on the first person to milk a cow. Like, why would the guy walk up to the cow and grab the cow's udder and whack it off until the white stuff came out and then drink it? And also, what made him leave it out in the sun and let it get all moldy and everything and then eat it as cheese? But anyway, y'all write an essay on that.
Hey, wait a minute. What did make someone go milk a cow and drink the white stuff for the first time?
Must have been my great-great-great-great-grandfather.
Yeah, I believe it.
Hey guys, before we start our essay, you want any peanuts?
Oh, peanuts? Yeah, sign me up. I want some.
No, peanuts.
Oh, peanuts. No, I don't want any. I'm fine.
Hey, Penelope, you want any peanuts?
No, Junior, you shouldn't eat those in class. They're messy.
Wait, how about some peanuts?
Ooh, that boy is savage.
All right, Kraft, while you write your essay, I'm gonna eat my grilled chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. I don't get the fried one because they fry it in peanut oil, and I'm deathly allergic to peanuts. And Junior, I see you eating peanuts in class. Don't you let those things get near me.
Don't worry, teacher, I won't let the peanuts get near you. I believe a guy milked a cow for the first time because he bought a wedding ring for his wife, and this cow's udder was the same size as his wife's finger, and he wanted to see if the ring would fit. So he put the ring on the udder and it got stuck, and he started yanking on the ring to get the ring off the udder, and the udder squirted milk in his mouth, and he said, that's yummy.
There's a peanut on my sandwich!
Oh my god, the teacher's having an allergic reaction! Nurse!
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 Did somebody call the nurse?
Yeah, it's the nurse!
Are you okay?
A peanut!
He's allergic to peanuts! Oh my god, who put a peanut on his sandwich? Junior, you have peanuts!
I didn't do it!
Nurse, Junior has peanuts! You tried to kill your teacher!
Screw you, Junior!
Someone call the cops!
Somebody call the cops?
That's my dad!
Alright, kid, that's it. You're under arrest for trying to kill your teacher with a peanut.
It wasn't me!
Says the kid with peanuts on his desk. Tell it to the judge, bucko. Come on.
Order! I am the Honorable Judge Boo Bear. Yes. Today we will be hearing the case of Junior, who is being accused of trying to kill his teacher by throwing a peanut onto his teacher's sandwich after his teacher explicitly said he was allergic to peanuts. Is this true, Chew? True, Chew. True, Chew! Is this true, Mr. Chew?
That is correct! He tried to kill me!
I didn't try to kill him, it was someone else!
You had a bag of peanuts on your desk, so you had to be the one that threw it!
It wasn't me!
Ah, yes, the shaggy defense. She got me on the counter. It wasn't me. Well, Mr. Junior, you're not the first kid to try to kill their teacher, and you certainly won't be the last. But if I let you go now, you might try to kill him again. So I have no choice but to find you guilty and sentence you to death by electric chair tonight. Bye. See you later.
Electric chair!
Come on, dead boy. Or soon to be dead boy. Get in there, you!
Oh, I don't want to die!
Yeah, it sucks, but you did the crime. Okay, so you do get a last meal, and that can be whatever you want. So I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order. Would you like a drink while you wait, or maybe some breadsticks, Caesar salad?
I'm too sad to eat.
Okay. That's the visitor doorbell. We put a doorbell in so that the death row inmates know when they have visitors. We made it sound like a home doorbell, because death row inmates are never going home, because they're gonna die. I'll get it!
Hey, Junior.
Hey, guys!
Oh, dude, I heard you dying tonight. That sucks. Well, say hi to my dad when you get to hell.
How do you know I'm going to hell?
I just had that feeling, dude.
Well, Joseph, Junior's not dying tonight because we're going to get him out of here.
You're gonna break me out of jail?
No, we're not going to jail for you, but we are going to prove your innocence.
How do you know I'm innocent?
Well, because if you had actually thrown that peanut, you would have said, hey, guys, look what I'm about to do before you did it, because you like to show off.
Yeah, you like to gloat, dude.
You're right. If I would have threw that peanut, I would have told you guys I was gonna do it first.
Yeah, exactly. We don't know who threw that peanut, but me and Joseph are going to find out. In the meantime, you need to buy time.
How am I gonna buy time, Cody? They're gonna kill me tonight.
But before they execute you, they have to give you your last meal, and that can be whatever you want. So just make sure you ask for something impossible for them to get, like something that could take days or even weeks for them to get, so they have to postpone your execution.
Will that really work?
Yeah, it's your last meal. They have to give you whatever you want.
Okay, I'll ask for something really hard to get.
Okay, come on, Joseph. Let's go find out who threw that peanut.
Okay, I gotta order something really hard.
Hey there, welcome to Applebee's. How can I take your order? I'm sorry. Welcome to Death Row. How can I take your order? Sorry, I haven't been a server since I worked at Applebee's. What do you want?
So I can literally order whatever I want.
Yeah, literally whatever you want and as much as you want too. I mean, we can do crazy stuff. Like John Wayne Gacy, that crazy guy who dressed up like a clown and ate kids. He ordered a dozen deep fried shrimp, a bucket of KFC's original recipe chicken, French fries, a pound of strawberries, and a bottle of Diet Coke. And then this other guy, James Edward Smith, he wanted a lump of dirt. So we can do pretty much anything.
Okay, so I want you to go to the top of Mount Everest.
Okay, Mount Everest.
And I want you to find a bald eagle's nest.
Bald eagle, okay.
And steal an egg and cook it sunny side up.
Sunny side up, good choice, good choice.
I want you to go to the Marianas Trench.
Okay, yeah.
And kidnap a bunch of baby octopuses.
Ooh, okay, baby octopus.
And I want you to get a Papa John's pizza, a pepperoni one, and I want you to take the pepperonis off and put the octopuses on the pizza.
Oh, okay, octopus pizza.
And I want Papa John to say a racial slur at the pizza.
Okay, that shouldn't be hard.
And then I want you to go to the Sahara Desert and find a blue cactus.
Blue cactus, here.
I want to eat that.
Okay.
I want 2 Big Macs, but I want the Big Macs from somewhere where they worship cows.
Well, like India?
Yeah, get a cow from India, the most worshipped cow in India.
Okay, most worshipped cow in India.
Yeah, I want that how you make the meat from the Big Macs. I want a 2-month expired can of ravioli from Chef Boyardee.
Does it have to be 2 months?
Has to be 2 months expired.
Okay, got it. 2 months expired ravioli.
What day is it?
Sunday.
Oh, I want Chick-fil-A.
Oh, Chick-fil-A's closed on Sundays.
I still want it.
Okay, you got it. Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Anything to drink with that?
I want you to go to Tatooine and go to McDonald's and get blue milk.
Okay, blue milk from Tatooine.
I want George Lucas to taste test it for me.
Tasted by George Lucas. Got it. And anything for dessert?
The crust of Pop-Tarts.
Just the crust?
I only like the crust.
Oh, me too. Okay, so I'll go get all this stuff, but it might take a little while, so your execution might not be tonight. Sorry about the inconvenience, but I'll get this going, and you just sit tight, okay?
Yeah. All right, Joseph. Let's look around the classroom and see if we can find any clues that prove Junior's innocent.
Okay, dude. Gotta find some evidence. Let me check Bully's desk. What a silly drawing. Oh, I gotta find some evidence!
Oh my god, Joseph, look!
Oh, what's up, dude?
There's a security camera of the classroom. It shows Bully grabbing a peanut off Junior's desk and throwing it at the teacher. I'll record it with my phone and show it to the cops. Come on, let's go!
Cody, where are you?
Order up!
What, you actually got all the food?
Hell yeah, I did. This is your last meal. Okay, so this is your sunny side up bald eagle egg from the top of Mount Everest. This is your blue milk from the McDonald's on Tatooine. This is your blue cactus from the Sahara Desert. These are your Big Macs from India. This is your 2-month-old expired Chef Boyardee ravioli. This is your Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. And this is your baby octopus pizza that Papa John's himself personally yelled a racial slur at. He even yelled a racial slur at the garlic sauce. I didn't even want him to. He actually wouldn't stop yelling racial slurs. He speaks entirely in racial slurs now. Oh, and also this is your Pop-Tart crust.
How did you get all this?
Oh, it was not easy. Let me tell you the story. So I hopped on a nonstop flight to Nepal, because that's where Mount Everest is, and then I hired a Sherpa to take me up to the top of the mountain. But about halfway up Mount Everest, my Sherpa died, so I had to make the rest of the hike on my own. But when I got to the top of Mount Everest, I saw a bald eagle's nest, and I thought, wow, this is going to be easy. So I grabbed one of the eggs, and then all of a sudden this eagle swooped down and punched me right in the face. Like he punched me. Like he didn't scratch me. He balled up his talons and punched me in the face. So I started throwing haymakers. I started punching him in his face. And then the eagle held me down and started pecking at my eyes, and then he threw me off the top of Mount Everest, and I fell all the way back down to the bottom. But I still had the egg in my hand, so I got that. So then I hopped on another nonstop flight to Guam, and then from there I took a submarine out into the bottom of the Marianas Trench, and I saw a family of octopi. So then I wrote free candy on the side of my submarine, because even octopus kids can't resist free candy. So then when they came up, I kidnapped the baby octopuses, and the octopus mom and dad, they were so upset, they were screaming an octopus. I mean, I don't speak octopus, but they seemed very upset. So from there, I hopped on another nonstop flight over to Italy, and I went over to Papa John's house so he could cook me up a pizza. So he answered the door, and he called me a racial slur, because I guess that's just how he says hello. So then he cooked up the pizza with the octopi on it, and then he called the pizza a racial slur, and then he called me a racial slur. So from there, I hopped on another nonstop flight to North Africa, which is where the Sahara Desert is, and then I rented a camel, and then wandered out into the middle of the Sahara Desert, and then my camel died of dehydration, so I lost the deposit on the camel. So I just kind of wandered around the Sahara Desert for a while, you know, I was dehydrated, so I was hallucinating, and I was starting to see things, and I saw a mirage, or I thought it was a mirage, but it turned out it was an actual blue cactus. So I took it, and then I blacked out from dehydration. So then I woke up in a pyramid hospital, and I said, well, thank you for saving my life, and then I hopped on another nonstop flight to India. I got a lot of frequent flyer miles on this trip. So then when I got to India, I saw a bunch of people gathered around worshipping a cow, and then I said, hey, I gotta take this cow to the vet, because I think he has mad cow disease. But really, I just took it out back, and I shot it, and I butchered it for the meat, and then I came out with 2 Big Macs. So from there, I hopped on another nonstop flight over to NASA, and then I had them send me on a rocket to Tatooine. But then when I got to Tatooine, I got robbed by some Jawas, and they were all like, Houdini! And then when I was in Mos Eisley, I found the McDonald's there. So I went through the drive-thru, and they were like, Houdini! And then I ordered that blue milk you wanted, and they gave it to me, and they said, Houdini! And so after I came out of the drive-thru, I saw they actually have a Chick-fil-A on Tatooine too, and it's open on Sundays because the days don't work the same there. So I went through the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A, and they went, Houdini! And I got that chicken. So then, from there, I hopped on a rocket, and I went back to my house, and then I went into my pantry, and it turns out I actually already had a 2-month-old expired can of Chef Boyardee ravioli, and I had some Pop-Tarts, so I just took the crust off those. So yeah, you should be grateful that I brought all this food to you. So bon appetit, dig in, eat the cactus. I want to see how that works.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Damn it! You pulled a Lawrence Russell Brewer on me. There was another guy who ordered a bunch of food, and then when we brought it, he said he didn't even want it. Damn it! I knew you were gonna do this. I was halfway up Mount Everest, and I said, I bet that little bastard doesn't even touch his food. But you know what? I'm taking this egg. I fought hard for this egg. Okay, let's go to the electric chair.
Actually, I do want to eat.
Oh, okay, we'll eat the cactus.
Never mind.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, let's go. All right, Simmons, let him fry.
All right, mate. Let me just turn it on.
Wait, he didn't do it, I have proof!
Show me!
Look, right there, it says other kid named Bully, he threw the peanut!
Oh, man, that's lame. I wanted to fry him. Simmons, let him go.
Alright.
I'll go arrest this bully.
Oh, thank you so much, Cody, for getting proof that it wasn't me!
Yeah, no problem.
Order! Bully! It turns out you were the one who threw the peanut on your teacher's sandwich. Well, normally I would love to give you the electric chair, but we spent too much money on giving the last kid his final meal, and now we can't afford to turn the chair on. So I suppose I have to sentence you to 100 days community service picking up trash on the freeway. Picking up trash? I wanted the electric chair. I know, right? I wanted to see someone fry. This is dumb. I hate this stupid job.
Alright, guys, are you ready to record our demo for the record label so they sign Lizard Guts and we become the biggest band in the world?
Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna be the biggest band ever. Let's rock out. I got the drums ready.
Wait, we're recording it in a voice memo on your phone?
How else we record it, Cody?
Yeah, it gives it that authentic mixtape sound, dude.
Okay.
Alright, our first song for the demo is called MILFs.
Ooh, nice choice of songs. I love MILFs.
Yeah, it's about hot moms.
What about hot dads?
Ew, yeah, that's gross, Cody. Shut up.
Okay.
Alright.
Junior, you unplugged my cheese shredder.
My what?
My cheese shredder. I was shredding cheese over here.
Yeah, you were shredding cheese, but you interrupted the entire song. You couldn't hear my vocals.
Yeah, dude, I was trying to rock out too. You couldn't even hear my drums.
Guys, I'm like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arch nemesis. I'm the fucking shredder, okay? I'm shredding more than Tony Hawk.
I know you're shredding, Cody, but you need to calm down with the shredding because this song has no shredding, okay? It's all about MILFs. No shredding. You can't hear my vocals. You're making the song all about you.
Okay, but you're the only one singing.
Yeah, dude, I got a voice too. I want to be heard.
Oh, okay, I guess I'll agree with you on that. I guess our first song for the demo should have all of us singing, and it shouldn't be about MILFs. It should be about our rock band, Lizard Guts.
No MILFs?
Well, the MILFs will come in a minute. But we'll get the MILFs from our first song, Lizard Guts.
Okay, I like that.
All right, so let me plug back in your shredder.
Thank you.
Your paper shredder, whatever you call it. And we'll record the next song. Okay, guys, with this song, we're gonna let the world know who the fuck we are. We're fucking Lizard Guts.
Yeah, we're Lizard Guts.
Lizard Guts! All right.
Sound like we're fucking Lizard Guts?
Yeah, we're fucking Lizard Guts.
Yeah, we're fucking Lizard Guts.
No, see, but that's the thing. It sounds like we are having sex with a lizard's guts.
What? See, that's what I thought I heard.
Well, no, it's we're fucking Lizard Guts. The name of our band's Lizard Guts. We're telling people who the fuck we are.
Yeah, but when you said that, didn't you hear it? We're fucking Lizard Guts? How that sounds bad?
Yeah, it kind of sound weird. You didn't hear it, dude?
I mean, now that you're pointing out that it sounds like we're fucking Lizard Guts, it sounds like we're fucking Lizard Guts, but we're fucking Lizard Guts.
Yeah, it sounds like we are having sex with a lizard's guts.
Well, no, we're not having sex with Lizard Guts. People know we're not having sex with Lizard Guts. That's gross.
Dude, we're not gonna get MILFs if they think we're having sex with lizards.
Oh, okay, well, we're not having sex with lizards. No one thought we were having sex with lizards.
I don't know, you're kind of giving it off the impression that we're having...
No one thought we were having sex with lizards, so Cody brought up we're fucking Lizard Guts.
Even at the beginning of the song, you talk about taking your pants off.
Because I got Lizard Guts on my pants, I stepped on the lizard.
Well, I don't know what that has to do with the rest of the song.
Because I'm telling the origin of why we call ourselves Lizard Guts, because I stepped on a lizard, his guts went everywhere, I got on my pants, I took them off because they want pants on my Lizard Guts on my pants.
I just don't think that should be part of the song.
Right. That's what I was thinking, dude. I thought we were bending over lizards.
Well, no, you never thought we were bending over lizards. You knew who we were talking about, who the fuck we are, and then Cody decides to put that gross image in everyone's mind.
I just don't think we should phrase it like we're fucking lizard guts. It doesn't sound good.
Okay, so we're supposed to say we're Lizard Guts?
Maybe.
Okay, but it doesn't flow right. We need a word between we're and Lizard Guts. We're frickin' Lizard Guts? Would that be better?
It's not very metal, no.
Okay, we're fucking Lizard Guts. How about this? If we just had a logo for our band showing that we're Lizard Guts, and it doesn't show that we're humping lizards, nobody's gonna think that.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, so everyone go draw their own version of the Lizard Guts logo, and we'll take a group vote of whose drawing's the best.
Okay, yeah.
All right, do that. Okay, did everyone do their drawing? Mine's the best, so we're gonna say mine for last.
Okay, well, I guess I'll go first. It's pretty standard stuff, just the word lizard guts, squishing a lizard's guts out.
That is That is actually really good, Cody.
That's sick.
Well, thank you guys.
All right, Joseph, what's yours?
I don't want to go, dude.
Oh, come on, Joseph. We want to see it.
Yeah, you gotta show us.
No, I don't want to show mine.
We're all supposed to make one, and we all group vote who's the best. So let's see yours.
Cody already won. Cody.
No, Cody not win. You haven't seen mine.
I'm sure yours is good.
Yeah, let's see yours, Joseph.
All right. Here, that's mine.
Wow. Cool, buddy.
That's just cool.
Yeah, that's great.
See, that's why I didn't want to show y'all mine.
No. It's actually really good. Like that's the lizard. And
Yeah, and I like his tongue.
yeah,
It's not like that's his guts.
Oh.
What?
that's not his tongue.
No, his guts were starting to come out. Lizard guts. Oh, why would it be lizard? That would be lizard tongue.
Well, hey, he's green. That's cool.
Man, fuck y'all, nigga.
I thought that was his tongue. Now it is bad if that's not.
No.
It
Where's
is
yours?
Oh, okay. You guys want to see mine?
Mine's is bad.
Behold.
Okay, now, Junior, this is kind of the opposite of what we.
What are you talking about? Look, his guts are coming out of his mouth. It spells lizard guts, and there's me squishing them.
Dude, you're humping that lizard.
Yeah, Junior, you're humping his fucking guts.
No, I'm not. I have him in a chokehold.
No,
Bro, you're penetrating it. That's doggy style.
That's lizard style.
Oh, no, guys, I have him in a chokehold. I'm squeezing the guts out of his throat. Look at that.
No, you are fucking that lizard.
I'm squeezing his anus out of his mouth.
Guys, he is. I'm riding the lizard, not riding him.
Yeah, you're riding him, all right.
No, I'm not. Fucking lizard guts. I'm having him in a chokehold, and I'm squeezing his throat, and his guts are coming out spelling lizard guts.
I mean, I like the words. I just don't like how you're getting them out by like fucking them.
I'm not fucking him, Cody. I'm not doing that. This is not. Okay, what else? Well, how would you do it? How would you have done it?
Oh, well, I would just have like a giant foot crushing him, because that's what you said in the story, right? You crushed him?
Yeah.
I am crushing him with my body weight.
You stomped on him, right?
Penis. Not bad.
What? I think you should be stomping on him, if anything.
Okay, fuck. I'll change it. Okay, guys, I fixed it. Big old foot crushing a lizard.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Big ass foot. Ooh, you know I like feet, bro. Wait. Is that a dude's foot? Ew. Why didn't you put a girl's foot? You know, a pedicure one.
Oh, well, this was supposed to be my foot, but now you're saying, oh my god, I should have done Margot Robbie's foot.
Oh, dude,
that would have been so hot with the toes, the pink toes.
I kind of feel like you guys are missing the point.
What? No, we need feet on the poster. People love feet.
No, Joseph, he's right. We're missing the point. The whole point is we're supposed to have a cool drawing for our band, and that was my foot crushing the lizard, and his guts are coming out spelling the name of the band. So let's vote who had the best drawing. Mine, Cody's, or Joseph's.
I mean, obviously, I like mine.
I like the feet.
Yeah, I like mine too. So you're outvoted 2-1. We're going mine. Meh.
Okay, I guess we'll use that one.
You're not gonna fight for your drawing, Cody?
No, I'm outvoted, and you're not fucking it anymore. So.
What? I was never fucking it, Cody. I had it in a chokehold, and then his guts were coming out spelling the name. I had him in a chokehold.
Dude, all we needed is a leash and some baby oil. You would definitely be at a freak off.
You guys are just upset because I didn't add you. If I would have added all three of us, would you have been happy?
No, I don't want to be part of a lizard train.
Yeah.
What lizard train?
Yeah, it's not our band.
Well, no, we're not running a train. I hate you guys. You guys are stupid. But look, we're going with my drawing. And while we were doing our drawings, I emailed the little snippet sample of the song to a record label, and they actually said they liked the song, and they said they wanted to come over and speak to us because they have some questions about our morals.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, we get rich.
That must be him. All right, guys. Hey, Joseph, grab the drawing and let's go talk to the guy.
Okay, dude.
Hello?
Hey there, is this where I can find the band Lizard Guts?
Yeah, you're looking right at him, and we're ready to negotiate, so come on in.
Well, we're not quite there yet, but I'll come in and ask you a few questions.
All right, come on.
Well, boys, I heard the song you sent me, and I have a few questions.
Are you wondering how we shred so much?
That's me shredding.
No, it's not that. I was just wondering if you...
How much money we want for our first contract?
Because we want 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
In American money.
No, that's not it. I was wondering if you boys, fuck lizards' guts.
What? No, we do not.
Well, in the song, well, I'll just play it.
We're fucking lizard guts. We're fucking lizard guts. We're fucking.
So you hear that? You said you're fucking lizard's guts, and then in the background you say, we're fucking.
See, I told you, people gonna think we have sex with lizards.
We do not have sex with lizards. When I'm saying we're fucking lizard guts, I'm saying we are fucking lizard guts.
Yeah, that's kind of the problem.
Well, no. Our band name is Lizard Guts, and I'm telling people who the fuck we are. It's like if SpongeBob said, I'm SpongeBob fucking Square Pants.
Yeah, it would sound like he was fucking Square Pants.
No.
You're confusing people, dude.
No, Lizard Guts. Our band is called Lizard Guts, and Joseph, show them the drawing. Oh. This drawing will clear any confusion. Yeah. Joseph, the drawing.
Yeah. This drawing is definitely gonna clear it up.
Well, it certainly clears it up. You're humping that lizard's guts out.
Wait, Joseph, you grabbed the wrong drawing?
Dude, my bad. I got confused. I didn't mean to grab that one.
It's supposed to be a foot.
You're fucking a foot?
No, a foot is supposed to be smashing the lizard. I'm not supposed to be choking it. I mean, it's in a chokehold, by the way. I'm not humping it.
He's definitely not penetrating it. He wouldn't do that.
I have clothes on. How can it be penetrating? Listen, it's supposed to be a foot crushing the lizard with his guts coming out. That's what it's supposed to be.
Well, Ozzy Osbourne did bite a bat's head off on stage, so I suppose if you boys fucked a lizard, that could sell tickets.
We're not trying to fuck lizards on stage. That's gross. People aren't going to want to listen to us if we do that.
I think they might be expecting it after that song, but hey, I'll tell you what. I hit this iguana with my car on the way here. If you boys just take turns on it, I'll get a preview of what the show will be like.
We're not going to bang a lizard. Joseph, you bang a lizard?
No, I'm not banging a lizard. I want to bang milks, not lizards.
Cody, will you bang a lizard?
I'm not banging that lizard.
Okay. I will attempt to bang it. I don't know how you...
Dude. Really?
I don't think so, kid. This isn't gonna work. I don't think people are gonna want to see this. It's just gross.
Well, no, can you sign us on a lip? Oh.
Have some self-respect, Junior.
Yeah, damn, nigga, a little dignity. Come on. What's wrong with you? Jesus. Get off the fucking lizard.
There's no way you believe that, Joseph. There's just no way.
Totally way, dude. Marlin would have murked Lilo's ass.
Lilo's a human. Marlin's a fish.
But look, Marlin knew the sea turtles and the sharks. He had connections, dude.
But Marlin was a pussy the whole movie.
A pussy with connections. That's a fast-moving pussy.
But Lilo has connections too because Stitch is an alien with 4 arms, and there's Pleakley, and there's Jumba, and then there's the Child Protective Service guy named Bubbles.
Didn't one of them wear a wig?
That's Pleakley.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, Cody, please sell an argument. Who would win in a fight? Marlin from Finding Nemo or Lilo from Lilo and Stitch?
Definitely Marlin, right?
Lilo.
Well, where's the fight happening? On land or in the ocean?
Lilo said his ass can get it anywhere. She can do it on land or she can do it in sea. In the movie, in the beginning, she's swimming underwater. She gives Pudge the fish a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh, well, that's not what fish eat. She shouldn't be doing that.
Well, she did it anyway.
She would not survive in the water for that long.
She can hold her breath.
No, the hell she could.
She's a good swimmer.
Ah, fuck it.
Well, still, I mean, I think the fish she fed that PB&J to probably died because his gills got all gunked up with peanut butter. So I'm gonna say Lilo because she has a record of killing a fish.
Thank you, Cody. Common sense.
No, the hell it's not.
You know, speaking of PB&J, Junior, pretty hungry, Junior. Let's have some dinner, Junior.
Yeah, let's get some grub, Junior.
So, what do you guys want for dinner?
Ooh, how about some big old corn on a cob?
As a meal?
Yeah, hell yeah. Why not?
Okay, how many cobs you want, Joseph?
About 6.
So we're doing this? We're having corn on the cob for dinner?
How many cobs you want, Cody?
How many cobs? I don't know. Can't we have something fun like toaster strudel?
You know what? That sounds good too. I love me a good toaster strudel.
Oh yeah, I love me some toaster strudel. I've had that before.
What's the matter, Junior? You don't like toaster strudel?
I love toaster strudel. I eat those. I eat those all the time.
You've never had toaster strudel, have you?
Yes, I have. I eat one every morning. I just had one right before you guys came over.
Oh yeah, then what do they look like?
They look like a.
Is it a hot dog with a stick in the middle?
Yes.
No, the fuck it's not. You lying son of a bitch. Oh, that is a corn dog.
Okay, I don't know. I've never had a toaster strudel. Fine.
I can't believe you.
You have to have a toaster strudel.
You gotta try one now.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll go get one. I'll go to the toaster strudel store or to toasterstrudel.com.
Store?
I'll ask Chef Pee-Pee for one. And I'm gonna make it. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, do we have any toaster strudel?
Oh, hell yeah, we do. It's my favorite meal. Here you go, little bitch. Get your strudel on.
Can you make it for me?
Oh, hell no. No, sir. I am your dad's slave, not Junior's slave. And I am currently on break, so I'm not doing any extra work.
Okay, how many minutes do I put it in the microwave?
You're so stupid.
I don't see any microwave instructions.
Say it one more time. What instruction?
It doesn't have microwave instructions.
Dumbass.
Can you just tell me how many minutes to put it in the microwave? It just says toaster instructions. I'm just gonna put it in there for 2 minutes. Okay, make 3 of them. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Yeah. It smells like they're done. Oh yeah. That looks like a toaster strudel to me. Heck yeah, it does. Alright guys, I'm done making them, but I don't know why you like them so much. They smell like burnt shit.
Jesus, Junior, what the fuck did you do?
Dude, did you burn 3 Hot Pockets?
No, I made the toaster strudel like you guys wanted.
What is that, blueberry?
No, it's strawberry. The box said strawberry.
It's black.
Oh, hey, watch what you say. You know what, I'm gonna let it slide, because it is black.
Well, look, it's strawberry.
Junior, you overcooked it. How long did you leave it in the toaster?
I didn't use a toaster. I used the microwave.
You used a microwave to make a toaster strudel.
Dude, it's not a microwavable strudel.
Well, there was no microwave instructions on the box.
Well, you should put it in a toaster, because it's a toaster fucking strudel.
Well, listen, it doesn't matter how you heat it up as long as it's cooked.
Clearly it matters. Clearly it does.
Right way, dude. It's gonna end up like 3 black bricks. And you didn't even add the icing.
I'll be honest with you guys, I was super concerned when I saw whatever the hell that was. I thought maybe those were used condoms.
Junior, it's the icing. It's the best part.
Well, listen, I almost put that in the microwave too.
How about you just put it in a toaster?
Well, I don't know where a toaster is. I couldn't find a toaster, but the microwave was right there.
I bet there's a toaster down there. Do you know what a toaster looks like?
Oh no, I'm worried now, dude.
Maybe we should just go make it.
No, I will make it. I will make I was screwing with you guys. This is all a joke. I've made toasters all the time. It was just a big prank because these were expired, so I made them. I just wanted, it was a joke. I can make them right.
Laugh, though.
I'm gonna make them right. How the hell do you do this? Okay, how do I... Chef Pee-Pee!
How that microwave work out for you, baby?
Apparently you're supposed to use a toaster.
Mm-hmm. You finally getting it. You getting it up there in your noodle.
Okay, so how many minutes do I put them in the toaster? Asking how many minutes is not a dumb question.
It is if you ask them to read the box.
The box doesn't say minutes. It says 1 to 2 cycles. What the... What the hell's a cycle? You know what? I'm just gonna push it down and wait for them to pop up. Okay, it looks like they're done. But how do I get my hand in? Ooh, that's hot. Let me grab a fork. Okay, let me get it out.
Ooh, you sure you want to do that, my boy?
Well, the toaster strudel's hot.
Right.
And if I grab it, I'll burn my fingers.
Right, good thinking.
So I was gonna use the fork to get them out.
Yeah, that's a good thought. But are you truly using your noodle? Like, are you truly using it?
Well, I don't want to burn my hands, so I was...
Good, fair point.
So I was gonna get it out.
But the fork is made of metal. You know what? Fuck it. I bet you $20 you won't do it.
Well, how am I supposed to grab it?
Hey, you got a fork. Do it.
Okay, I'm just gonna just get it.
What the hell?
Dude, is it storming outside?
No. You know what? Let's go check on Junior and make sure he's not doing something stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? What? Is that me?
Hey, Junior, how's the toaster strudel coming?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my fucking god! Junior stuck a fork in the toaster!
No, you're so damn stupid. Why would you do that, dude? You think he's still alive?
I'm gonna call a doctor.
Please. Oh, Julia, why would you do that? You freaking idiot.
What are you guys talking about? I'm right here.
Julia, breathe, nigga, breathe.
I'm right here, Joseph.
Oh, bro, we should have just had corn on the cob. It's a safer meal.
Wait, why can't they see me? I'm right here, guys.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, my idiot friend stuck a fork in a toaster.
What kind of fucking idiot would do that? Does your friend have a history of being this stupid?
Unfortunately, yes. It's something dumber and dumber each day.
That's right, doctor.
What kind of dumbass puts a fork in a toaster?
My friend, I think he was trying not to burn his fingers and he used a fork.
Exactly, Joseph.
Tragic fucking moron.
I know. Look, he tried to cook it in a microwave, so that should tell you how dumb he is.
Oh, what a stupid fucking dumbass.
Is he dead though, doctor?
Let me see. Oh yeah, he's super dead.
Oh,
I'm not dead, I'm right here.
Why would you die on me?
Gonna have to tell his dad.
No, I'm not dead, guys. I'm right here.
Junior, you idiot. We should have just had corn on the cob.
I'm right here, guys.
Oh, man, I can't wait for the new episode of Charlie and Friends.
Hey.
What the hell? Why is there a doctor in my room? Are you here to check my prostate?
Well, I can do that while I'm here, but no, I have something very important to tell you.
There's nothing more important than prostate health. Check my damn prostate.
Okay.
Woo! Doctor, why are you using 3 fingers?
Well, that's just how I was taught. The real question is, why does 3 fingers fit?
Fair question. I have a fairly big remote in my room, so I have a lot of spare time.
Yeah, I can see that. It's pretty spacious back here. It's like the trunk of a Honda Accord.
Thank you. I keep it vacuum. Tell me what you see back there.
Well, I do see some polyps. I think you might have diverticulitis.
Damn! Oh, bro.
Well, you keep it pretty clean, so I'm not going to wash my hands.
I appreciate the compliment. Well, what did you come here for?
Oh, yeah, your son's dead.
Oh, fuck! Oh. Well, at least it's one less mouth to feed.
Well, that's not really how most parents react to that news.
I am not most parents. No, how did he die?
Well, he stuck a fork in a toaster like a big stupid fucking idiot.
Yeah, he is a dumbass. What a waste of breath, right?
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's really amazing that he didn't die until now. You know?
Yeah. Can you imagine just like from birth to right now, just a waste of fucking life?
Yeah, seriously. I mean, you would think he would have like swallowed his tongue by now or something.
Or choked on a damn battery.
Yeah, like some other stupid idiot fucking death. I can't believe it took this long.
Yeah, he could have fell off of a bridge at like age 8. He was that stupid.
Yeah. I mean, at least it wasn't a smart kid that died like this.
Oh, bro, that would have been a waste of life. Even worse. first.
Yeah, if he was like a smart kid who like went this far, you know, he had like a whole future ahead of him. That's just your stupid idiot, dumbass, dipshit son. So I guess it's fine.
Can you believe, like, if Stephen Hawking was a dumbass and stuck a damn fork in the toaster?
No, he would never. He's not that stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, who is that stupid?
Right.
Oh, dude, I can't believe Julia's dumbass is dead.
I fucking can. Look at this. Nobody who does this is smart enough to live. He microwaved a toaster strudel. A fucking toaster strudel. Context clues like a motherfucker. I mean, not one brain cell in that boy.
Oh, man, you do have a point.
I already called Penelope over to tell her the news.
Penelope?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, remember Junior, your boyfriend? He's fucking dead.
What? What happened?
His dumbass stuck a fork into a toaster.
What an idiot!
I know, I can't believe he's that fucking stupid. Unbelievable.
I fucking hate him!
Yeah, I don't blame you. You know, I'm sorry you had to date a stupid ass.
It was more like a Make-A-Wish situation.
Yeah, I could tell. I could definitely tell.
Make a wish!
You know, his dumbass actually thought Lilo could beat Marlin in a fight.
I tried to tell him.
Yeah, I know. I agreed with him just to shut him up because you know how he gets when he's on a roll, you know? But I mean, come on. Stitch would drown in water and the ocean's big and there's like rip currents and shit.
But Stitch not
One
fighting!
movie's 3D and the other one's 2D. I mean, you can't even
It was Lilo
compare.
versus Marlin!
It's worth the
Stupid
conversation.
I know, it's fucking
Exactly.
idiot.
God damn it. I hate him.
Who am I gonna date now?
Me!
Smarter, hopefully. I mean, you can definitely do better.
Cody, are you straight?
Fuck it, I am now. Want to
What?
make out?
Yeah.
What the hell? What is going on?
Man, I need somebody to make out with.
Wait, what is happening? There's no way!
Hey, dipshit, wake up. Wake up, you stupid idiot fuckface. Hey, moron, dumbass, wake up. Hey, you fucking moron.
Oh,
Hey.
wait, what happened?
What happened? Your dumbass stuck a fork in a toaster and almost died. That's what happened.
What, am I dead?
No, because I said you almost died, you fucking dipshit.
Oh, here you go, you dumbass. I'm surprised you even did it, but here's your $20.
What? Okay, listen, how else am I supposed to pull the toaster strudel out of the toaster?
You wait for it to cool off, because sometimes food gets hot, you know, so you use your fingers, or maybe a paper towel. Literally anything other than a metal fork, you fucking moron.
Okay, well, is the toaster strudel still good?
Is it good? It's a fucking toaster strudel. It's amazing. Of course it's good. Have you never had a toaster strudel?
No.
How old are you?
16.
You're 16 and you've never had a toaster strudel. The only excuse for that is if you were like in some kind of indigenous tribe on an island somewhere that had never had contact with the outside world. Then that would make sense. What the fuck is wrong with you? Everybody loves toaster strudels. If you gave those people a toaster strudel, they would put it on top of a temple and to say it was their god or something. They would think it was like, they wouldn't know what the fuck to think. It'd be like handing them an iPhone. It's fucking magic. They don't fucking know. God, you're fucking stupid.
He's right.
Can you make me a toaster?
Fucking no.
Oh, Marvin, I'm so excited to go on our fancy dinner date tonight.
Only the best for you, baby.
Is Jeffy ready?
Jeffy, are you ready to go to dinner? Did you put on your shirt and tie? Jeffy, you're not wearing a Donald Duck costume at dinner.
Why? It has a bow tie.
Because it's a fancy restaurant.
Yeah, Jeffy, it's the fanciest restaurant. We're going to Frankie's Steakhouse Bar and Grill Hibachi Cantina Buffet.
It takes months to get a reservation, and they have a strict dress code.
Well, this is fancy as fuck, Daddy. I'm related to Scrooge McDuck.
Jeff, you're not going wearing that Donald Duck costume. Fuck you, Okay, and for saying that, now you're not going at all. I'm gonna get a babysitter.
No, Marvin, we have to leave now. Where are we going to get a babysitter in the next 5 minutes?
I'm gonna ask Chef Pee-Pee. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
Not right now, Marvin. I'm making a grilled cheese and chocolate pudding sandwich.
All right, listen, it's an emergency. I need your help.
Look, I'm not gonna make you a sandwich. I'm already using all the cheese for myself. I'm gonna be gassier than a bitch.
Oh, no, I'm not asking for a sandwich. Listen, I have a dinner reservation at Frankie's.
Whoa, Frankie's? That's fancy as hell, Marvin. You better have a suit.
I'm gonna go wearing this. But listen, me and Rose are going, and we don't have anyone to babysit Jeffy, so I was wondering if maybe you could babysit Jeffy.
Oh, my bad. I had a tickle in my throat. I'm sorry, Marvin. What were you saying?
I was wondering if you could babysit Jeffy.
Oh, God damn it! Babysit Jeffy! You're stupid as hell, goofy, dumbass, retarded ass little boy.
Come on! Holy shit, you got the fan! Oh my God!
I'm sorry, it was just that damn funny. He's so stupid.
Hey, Marvin, what did Chef Pee-Pee say? Oh my God, Marvin, what happened to your face?
I asked him to babysit Jeffy, and he accidentally hit me in the face.
Marvin, you can't go out to dinner like that.
Well, no, we're not missing this reservation. We're still going.
Well, what are we going to do about Daffy Duck over there?
Okay, listen, I don't know. We gotta find a babysitter somehow. I just don't know anyone else that can babysit him.
Marvin, what about your brother Louis?
Oh, no, I'm not getting my brother Louis over here. I don't need his help. Jeffy, can we trust you to stay home by yourself?
No, I just figured out how to use a lighter. And I like to hold it near things, especially things made out of cloth.
Okay, fine. I'll call my brother Louis. Just goddamn lighter.
Marvin, I was so shocked you called me to babysit. You never called me.
Oh, I know. Just know you're my last resort. I would never call you for anything ever. I just need you to babysit him. Make sure he doesn't shit on stuff or rub his ass like a dog on the carpet or set stuff on fire.
Marvin, you act like I don't know how to watch a bird, though.
What?
Because he's a bird?
No, he's not a bird. That's my son. He's a human.
This is a human? Well, Marvin, you act like I don't know how to watch babies. You forget the time we went back in time to hang out with our younger self.
That never happened. That was not us. That wasn't happening. Listen, anyway, I'm gonna go to dinner with my wife, so if anything bad happens, you call us, okay?
Oh, wow, she looks so pretty in the pink dress. Just like the one that was named after the fruit.
Okay, just shut up. Let's go to dinner, baby.
He's so nice. Oh, Marvin, I can't believe we're at Frankie's. It's as fancy as people say.
I know, it just smells so rich in here.
Hey there, welcome to Frankie's Steakhouse Bar and Grill Hibachi Cantina Buffet, where the flavor never ends and neither does the name of the restaurant. I'm Brooklyn Guy, I'll be your waiter this evening. First of all, I just need to know if you folks want to do the hibachi, the buffet, or traditional dining.
Oh, we'll dine in.
That sounds good. Just remember that our buffet is eat all you can, so if at any point you don't get enough food, you just take your plate up to the buffet and just eat everything. Just keep eating until you can't eat anymore. First of all, I just want to go over some of Frankie's favorites with you. For the appetizers, I recommend the chicken wings. They come in buffalo, barbecue, and terrell yak. The cut of steak we recommend is the kibeye. Nobody's quite sure where that is on the cow, but it's very tender. And for our hibachi, if you decide to do that, we do have our beef tacos, hard or soft shell, and our guacamole and chips. We're the only place in the world that actually cooks that on a hibachi grill. And for noodles, I recommend the baked ziti. So, can I get you two started with a drink?
Oh, I'll have a glass of wine, but no alcohol.
So, grape juice then.
Yes, that sounds great.
Grape juice, Marvin?
Yes, grape juice would be nice.
Okay, I'll leave you two to look at the menu.
Oh, baby, what are you looking at?
I don't know, he really made that kibeye sound good.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you like to do for fun? What, are you going to make like a popcorn? Or maybe paper mache? It still might be paper mache. Okay. What the fuck are you doing?
Now you deal with that.
Oh my god!
Okay, you two lovebirds. Our grape juice tonight is an exquisite nectar, masterfully wrought from the noblest Concord grapes. Its resplendent ruby tones unveil a symphony of opulent sweetness, culminating in a pristine crystalline finish. A veritable treasure for the most cultivated of tastes. It's also diet.
Ooh.
Yeah, would you two like to smell?
Yes. Concord.
Yes, it is.
Very grapey.
Yes, so do we have any questions about the menu?
Yes, I noticed there's no prices on the menu.
Yes, Frankie didn't believe in putting prices on menus because he felt like it scared people away from the more expensive items.
Okay, so how will I know the total?
Well, you'll know when you get the bill. It's kind of like a fun little surprise at the end, sort of like an unexpected medical bill. So have we decided what we want to eat?
Ooh, I'll get the chicken Alfredo pasta.
Ooh, expensive.
Oh, well, what about the kibeye steak?
Oh, that's the most expensive.
You know what? I'll get both.
Sounds good. And for you, sir?
Well, since she's getting the two most expensive things on the menu, I guess I'll order off the kids' menu. I'll get the kids' mac and cheese.
I'm sorry, the what, sir?
The kids' mac and cheese.
I don't know what you're referring to, sir. What is that?
It's right here. It's the kids' favorite, the mac and cheese.
I don't know about that. I know we have a lobster mac and cheese. It's very expensive.
What? No, not the lobster mac and cheese. The kids' mac and cheese is right here.
You'll have to be a little bit more specific, sir. I only know the names of the items.
Can I get the piggy mac and cheese?
I'm sorry, sir. What was that? Please speak up.
The piggy mac and cheese.
I can't quite hear you, sir.
The piggy mac and cheese.
Oh, the piggy mac and cheese for the little piggy. Does our little piggy want piggy mac and cheese, little piggy? Hey, everybody! This grown man is ordering the piggy mac and cheese like a little piggy. Oh, it is good, sir. It's a very popular item with the kids. See, it's a creamy, cheesy moss with crumbled boon, and the pork is EBO pulled pork.
Oh, I heard that's good for you.
I heard that too. So, if you want that, I am going to need you to oink.
What?
Yeah, I just need a little oink to confirm you do in fact want the piggy mac and cheese.
I'm not gonna oink.
I can't give you the piggy mac and cheese unless you oink.
I'm not doing it.
I'm gonna need you to oink if you want the piggy mac and cheese, sir. Just a little oink. Just a little oink. Okay, sir. I'll get that started for you.
Marvin, why were you being so weird about your order?
Because I don't want to say piggy mac and cheese. Like, why do they have to call it that? Why couldn't they call it bacon mac and cheese? Or just the kids fucking mac and cheese? He knew what I was talking about.
Oh my God! What are you doing?
Remodeling. I think a closet would look good right here.
Marvin's going to kill me! A closet won't fit right there!
Well, if you grab a hammer and some sheetrock and help me get this closet done before Daddy gets home, then it'll look good.
Give me that hammer! I can't believe you would do this! What's wrong with you?
Oh my God, Daddy, he's crazy! I heard banging and I came over and he was beating a hole in the wall.
That's not true! Give me that video!
All right, ma'am. There's your $450 chicken Alfredo pasta.
What?
And your $700 kibbe steak.
You're fucking lying.
Oh, it looks great. Thank you.
There's no way it's that expensive.
Calm down, little piggy. There's your piggy mac and cheese, and I'm gonna need you to wear this.
What the fuck is that?
Well, that's a piggy snout, because everybody needs to know that you're a little piggy who likes his piggy mac and cheese. And I have to take this from you.
Why are you taking my silverware?
Well, because little piggies don't eat with a fork or a knife. They eat with their little piggy snout to pig out. So go ahead, little piggy, put your piggy snout on.
I'm not wearing that pig snout.
I'm smelling that crumbled boon. That's good boon. We have the best boon in town, in my opinion. So go ahead, little piggy, put your piggy snout on so you can enjoy the boon.
I said I'm not wearing that piggy snout.
I'm sorry, sir. You're not going to be able to eat the piggy mac and cheese unless you wear your piggy snout.
Well, then I'm not going to eat it.
Well, then I should probably let you know we're going to have to charge you for it anyway. I mean, that's non-refundable, and that's Frankie's policy. It's $20 if you eat it with the piggy snout on, and it's $275 if you don't. There you go. Now you look like a little piggy.
Oh, Marvin, you look so silly.
Please shut up. Can we just get our food to go?
Oh, no, I'm sorry, sir. We don't do to-go boxes here. Frankie doesn't believe in that.
Oh my God.
So you're going to have to eat all this right here with your little piggy snout. Go ahead, little piggy.
I don't think I'm hungry anymore.
No, go ahead. You gotta eat it right here. That's a good pig. Good pig.
Get back here! Listen, if you delete the video, I promise not to tell your dad everything that you've done.
No. Stay back! No!
Stop it, please!
No, stay away! No!
You're making a mess!
No!
Stop it, please!
No!
No!
Daddy, look what he did! He shattered balls all over the kitchen with his hammer!
No, I didn't! Your son is a filthy, rotten liar!
No, I'm not!
Get back here!
Oh, I'm so full.
Oh, me too.
Ooh, this little piggy's about to pop. That's some pig. Well, here's your bill.
Let me see this.
Yeah, I just want to let you know Frankie doesn't believe in tipping, so a 75% gratuity has already been added.
75% gratuity?
But you can feel free to tip me more if you're very satisfied with my service.
What have you done to deserve that?
Well, I actually did a lot today, sir. I carried the food from the kitchen all the way to your table, I explained the menu, and I explained the rules.
$2,700 for a meal? Why is it so expensive?
Well, because she ordered the chicken Alfredo pasta and the kibbe steak.
What? $400 for fucking grape juice?
Well, it's not just any grape juice, sir. This is Diet Welch's Grape Juice, 2023. That's a very fine year. This is really top shelf stuff.
I ordered the piggy mac and cheese. It's only $20, but this is too expensive.
How will you be paying today, sir? Cash, card, or kidney? Or shall we just call the police?
Get back here!
No! If you let me tase you, I'll delete the videos.
Tase me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine!
You sound like SpongeBob.
Okay, fine! Now let me do it to you!
Dad, look, he's crazy! He's trying to tase me with a taser!
That's not true! He's lying, Marvin! You know what? I'm out of here!
Oh.
Marvin, I can't believe you sold half your kidney to pay for tonight's dinner.
That was the only way we could fucking pay for it, because you ordered two of the most expensive things on the menu.
Marvin, you're still wearing your piggy nose.
Oh, I'm gonna wear it proudly because I had to pay all that money for dinner.
Hey, Daddy, Uncle Lewis tried to touch me.
What?
Yeah, and then he ran out of the house, and he threw a bunch of bowls down in the kitchen, and then he took a hammer to the drywall.
What?
Yeah, I have it all on video right here.
Oh my God, baby, look at this. What? Lewis is deranged.
Yeah, that's a deranged man, Daddy. That's a cry for help.
Oh my, he is not allowed back in this house again. Look at all the damage he's done. He's on the hammer and he tried to tase you.
I know, Daddy. It's crazy.
Hold on, let me call the cops.
Hey there, somebody call the cops? Oh, look who it is! It's a little piggy bitch from dinner! How you doing, little piggy? You got a belly full of food, you little piggy? Oh, that little piggy belly is all full of mac and cheese, isn't it, you little pot-belly piggy? Look at you, little piggy bitch, bitch-ass piggy. Okay, Hey, Marvin, let's watch the NBA playoffs.
Hey, I was watching TV.
What channel's the Heat game?
Oh, Marvin, the Heat got eliminated days ago. Silly Marvin, thinking the Miami Heat can actually win basketball games. What a joke.
Marvin, I hate boys' night. I was hoping we could watch a romantic comedy together.
Shoo, get out of here. Marvin loves hanging out with me. Weekends are for the boys, right, Marvin, you bald bastard?
Hey, Daddy, my ball eater game is broken.
Wait, is that Pac-Man? I love Pac-Man. Let me see if I can fix it. Nope, it's broken. Go play Fortnite or something.
But I want ball eater game.
Well, ball eater game is broken.
The news!
Breaking news, okay? Miss Pac-Man is filing for a divorce from Mr. Pac-Man after 42 years of marriage. Pac-Man is depressed, so if you have a Pac-Man machine, he won't be in it because he is taking a leave of absence.
Pac-Man's going through a divorce? Poor Pac-Man.
What about poor Mrs. Pac-Man? Divorce is hard on everybody, especially the kids.
Screw all that. You know, Marvin, me and Pac-Man actually went to high school together. We were buddies. Yeah, we used to do blow in the bathrooms. I haven't talked to him since he got famous, though. But I think we should invite him over for boys' night. We should give him a night so good he forgets all about that slut.
Hey, don't call her that.
What? She is. She eats balls for a living.
So does he.
Okay, well, sometimes men have to do things we're not proud of to put food on the table, right, Marvin?
Yeah.
Right? You ever suck a dong for dinner, you know? You know, to feed your family, Marvin?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's just me. And I'm not proud of it, but I've done it. Back when I didn't have all my jobs.
Are you gonna call Pac-Man?
Yes, I will call him, and I'll take this out of here. I don't want him crying when he shows up. Okay, I'm calling Pac-Man.
Wagga wagga.
Hey, Pac-Man, it's me, Brooklyn guy from high school, remember?
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I saw the news. I'm sorry your wife left you, buddy.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, well, listen, she was no good for you anyway. You remember in high school when she ate the entire football team's balls?
Wagga wagga.
Yeah, and the basketball team, that's right.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I told you she was no good for you, buddy. You don't need her.
Wagga wagga. Wagga.
Yeah, I know. What she lacked in hands, she made up for with a mouth. Believe me, I know. Yeah, I even hit that a few times, too. I think I actually have the high score in that.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I know. But listen, I think you should come over to my buddy's house, and we're gonna have a whole boys' night, okay? We're gonna play some pool, we're gonna go out to dinner, maybe hit up a strip club, huh?
Wagga 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 wagga.
No, and listen, I understand. I know you don't want to leave the house right now, but it'll be good for you, okay? If you're not having fun after 10 minutes, you can leave. Got it?
Wagga wagga wagga.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you in a minute, buddy. Alright, he's coming over. Just make sure you have some fruit laying out. He loves that. Oop, that must be him. Come on, Marvin. Hey, Pac-Man! You look great, buddy!
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, this is my friend Marvin. This is his house.
Wagga wagga wagga.
He says you have a lovely home. So you want to come on in and play some pool?
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, it has balls. You love that. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna break first. Just like your wife broke your heart when she left you.
Waka waka waka!
Oh, come on, I was just joking. But this break is no joke. Ugh, damn it, I didn't get a single one in. Okay, Pac-Man, your turn.
No!
What's he doing?
No.
He ate all my pool balls!
Waka waka waka!
I know, buddy. It's just instinct. Listen, this is my fault. We shouldn't have played a game with balls.
He needs to buy me new pool balls now!
Marvin, he is going through a divorce. Give him a break.
Waka waka waka!
I know. You must be hungry. Let's go to a restaurant and get some real food. Marvin, if you had just left fruit out, this wouldn't have happened. Okay, Pac-Man, whenever I'm heartbroken, I always come here to Applebee's. This always cheers me up. Now, I know you're going through a divorce right now, but I'm actually going through a pretty rough time, too. See, my Miami Heat got gentlemen swept in the playoffs because their superstar can't stop drinking coffee, and also I shot him. So I'm gonna order some chicken wonton tacos with chicken tenders to cheer myself up.
Waka waka waka!
Yeah, sure, we can get some mashed potato balls for an appetizer.
Hello, welcome. Oh, dear God. Oh, welcome to Applebee's. What can I get started for you tonight?
Well, Clarissa, I think I'll have my usual.
You don't have a usual. You get something different every time you come here.
Well, the menu's just so big, I can't pick just one thing.
And before you get mad, we only have Pepsi products.
Oh, believe me, I remember. It's the one thing I don't like about this place. Oh, by the way, do you have any fruit? My friend here likes apples.
No, we don't.
What, you're Applebee's and you don't have any apples?
Well, we don't have bees either.
Well, you have two B's on your chest that I'd like to squeeze. Boobies, am I right, Marvin? B cups? Actually, I think they're more like A cups. Right, Pac-Man? A cups?
Waka waka!
You know, actually, speaking of A cup, I would like a cup of drink. Where are our beverages?
I was trying to ask you what you wanted and you never told me.
Well, we will have waters for the table. Hey, Marvin,
It's free. Life hack! And also, I would like some chicken wonton tacos with chicken tenders and honey mustard and some mashed potato balls.
Is that it?
And also, I would like 2 cheeseburgers, some chicken Alfredo, some mozzie sticks, and some spinach artichoke dip.
Okay, well, who's getting what?
I don't know. Just bring it and we'll figure it out when it gets here.
Okay.
Can you believe this skank Pac-Man? Do your job. Hey, Pac-Man, you know what? You should probably try to get her number. Me and Marvin hit that in Paris.
Waka waka?
Yeah.
All right, here's your food.
No. This is all wrong. You put the food in front of the wrong people.
I asked you who gets what, and you told me not to worry about it.
Yeah, well, now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't have said that. But, I mean, look, the mashed potato balls are clearly for Pac-Man. He's Pac-Man. He loves balls.
Okay, fine. Well, I'll put these over here.
Yeah, do that. And you know I love mozzarella sticks, so clearly those are for me.
Okay, well, I'll bring these over here.
Okay, and you know I love chicken wonton tacos, too, so why are they all the way over there by Pac-Man? And I know Marvin probably wants a burger, and honestly, I don't know who the hell's gonna even eat the chicken Alfredo, so you probably just take that back.
You know what? You're a pain in my ass.
Thinking of Paris, huh?
Ah!
That's the sound she made, too. Remember, Marvin? Remember Paris?
Yes.
All right, let's dig in, boys.
Waka 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 waka.
Whoa, Marvin, Pac-Man's going crazy on those mashed potato balls. You know what? I'm gonna eat without my hands, too.
Waka 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 waka.
Ugh, I am stuffed.
Waka waka.
What the fuck did you guys do?
We chowed down, that's what.
You guys made a mess. You didn't even use your silverware.
Yeah, well, I saw Pac-Man go in face first, and it reminded me of Paris, so I had to go in face first, too.
You ate like animals.
Well, I do like it doggy style, remember?
If you expect me to clean this up, you better give me a big tip.
Oh, you've seen it. It's not very big.
Ah!
Okay, guys, she's gone. Dine and dash to the strip club. Yeah, look at that, a stripper. That'll help you forget about your wife, right, Pac-Man?
Waka waka waka.
Oh, come on, man. You gotta get back out there. You know, Miss Pac-Man's probably getting railed.
Waka waka waka.
What? It's true. You know, she probably has a mouthful of Powerballs right now.
Waka waka.
Marvin, help me out here.
I don't know what to say to him. I wanted to go home and watch basketball.
Marvin, there is no basketball. The heat is out. Excuse me, miss.
What?
My friend here's going through a messy divorce. You think you can help cheer him up?
How much?
How much you get, Pac-Man?
Waka waka waka.
Oh, she took all your money?
Waka.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Miss Pac-Man is a better game.
Waka waka.
Well, do you at least think she's hot?
Waka.
No? Okay. Well, we'll wait for the next one. Boo! Get off the stage!
Ugh, whatever.
Coming up next on stage, we have the twins.
Waka waka.
What the hell are they?
Waka waka.
Oh, you like them, Pac-Man?
Uh-huh.
Well, go get them, buddy.
Waka 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 waka.
Oh, damn. Okay. I don't know where all this cash is coming from. I thought Miss Pac-Man cleaned you out.
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka.
Okay.
Waka waka waka.
Hey, Pac-Man, you want to take him home?
Waka waka.
Okay, come on, Marvin, let's drive him home.
Waka 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 waka.
Waka waka waka.
Marvin, he wants to know what room he can use.
Upstairs, please. Why didn't he just take him to his house?
Marvin, you know Miss Pac-Man took the house in the divorce.
Well, why couldn't he go to your house?
Marvin, I have a daughter. I don't want her walking in on whatever he's about to do to them. But really, I don't understand how it works. I mean, he's like a ball. But anyway, let's just go hang out while he does his thing.
Waka 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 waka.
What are you doing? I thought you said we were gonna hang out.
I just want to know what it sounds like.
That's weird.
Huh, it sounds like a game of Pac-Man. Okay, I gotta get in there and see what this looks like.
No, that's weird, bruh.
Marvin, what's weird is you calling me bruh. Now stand aside. I have to see what Pac-Man sex looks like. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh no! Oh god, I am so sorry I looked.
What it look like?
Oh god, he was like inside out and there were parts that I didn't even know existed and there was fruit involved? Oh Jesus, I don't even know if I can talk to him again after that. Oh.
There's someone at the door.
Oh, please, let's answer it. Let's get away from here.
Hello?
Oh, shit, Marvin, it's Blinky, Inky, Pinky, and Clyde.
The ghost from Pac-Man?
Yeah, the goons. Wait, what are they saying? Oh, shit, Marvin, they're saying those two strippers that Pac-Man is inside out with are Blinky and Clyde's girlfriends, and they want to kick Pac-Man's ass. Oh, no, quick, Marvin, we have to help Pac-Man.
Where are they going?
They split up to look for Pac-Man. Quick, Marvin, we have to give Pac-Man this power orb so the ghosts turn blue and he can fucking eat them.
Okay.
No, don't open that. Pac-Man, catch! Oh, you're screwed, buddy. Good job, Pac-Man. Now go get the other ones. Okay, you got Inky. I think another one's in that room. There's Pinky! I wonder where they go after he eats them.
The eyes run to that little box and they respawn.
Oh, shit, that's right. Okay, well, he has one more to eat before the Powerball wears off.
Oh, good job, Pac-Man. You ate Clyde. You ate all the ghosts.
Waka waka.
Yeah, well, Pac-Man, you've had a really long day. You had Applebee's, you banged 2 strippers. So are you over your wife yet?
Waka waka waka.
Oh, no, Pac-Man, no, don't do that.
Waka 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 waka.
No, Pac-Man, you're gonna regret it.
Waka waka waka.
No, Pac-Man, don't.
What'd he say?
He said he's gonna go murder his ex-wife like OJ.
Oh no!
We gotta stop him!
Listen, if we go to the police, they're never gonna believe this. I mean, I'm a cop and I don't even believe it. And the last time I tried to interfere with an old video game character, Hubert went to jail. So I think we should just mind our own business on this one.
Wait, what was that about strippers?
Oh yeah, there are 2 Pac-Man strippers in the bedroom over there with fruit in their orifices.
Oh, summer school's gonna suck.
God, it's so depressing in here. There's nothing on the walls.
Yeah, reminds me of my room at home.
Hey, Mikey, can I sit right there so I can be near my friends?
No! I stay here first! Go find your own seat!
Come on, Mikey, we don't even like you.
Well, that's too bad!
Sorry, Freddy.
It's okay.
Wait, why don't we just move seats?
There's no other seats.
Is it okay if I sit here with you guys?
Sure. Oh man, Annabelle, summer school's gonna suck, but at least I'm here with you.
Did we really have to sit with the nerds?
Yeah, unfortunately. But if any of them talk to you, I'm gonna punch them in the face. You got that, nerds? If you talk to my girlfriend, I'm gonna punch you in the face.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Finally, my favorite time of the year, summer school. Oh, make it stop. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, it's music to my ears. It's like ASMR. Oh, you know why you idiots are in this class during summer school? Because you're dumb. Dumb as hell. And your parents don't love you. Neither do I. And you know why this class looks like a prison? Because you're a prisoner in it. Welcome to my hellhole. And if you try to escape, you're gonna end up like my little buddy here, Jason. Oh, he was such a sweet kid. Oh, poor Jason. Oh, he came to summer school every year. And then he finally decided to hang himself. Because it was better than being here. So, we got plenty of work for you guys to do. Many books for you to read, so enjoy yourself in my hellhole. I will be enjoying myself at the beach. Toodles.
Principal Steinbeck, I actually wanted to talk to you before I started teaching.
What is it?
Well, you see, are you sure there's no one else that can teach summer school? I mean, someone other than me. There's a lot of things I wanted to do this summer.
But these stupid kids failed because of you. So your punishment is to teach in this class for all of summer school.
But they're not even all my students. See?
Oh, I wasn't looking at the students. I was looking to see if I had a fuck to give. And I don't! So get to teaching or you're fired!
All right, class, welcome to summer school. Now, class, I don't want to be here any more than you do, but it's all your fault. If you were just smart enough to pass your own grade, you wouldn't be here right now, and I would be on a beach sipping pina coladas with Enrique.
You're cheating on my dad?
Mikey, I was never in a relationship with your father. I was in a tight spot and I needed money.
My father said he paid money to get into your tight spot.
Mikey, hush. All right, class, today is Friday. We started summer school on a Friday to ruin my weekend. But also, class, today is June 14th, which is also Flag Day.
Flag Day?
Yeah, Flag Day.
Oh, I thought she said something else. I was like, they have the whole month already.
And since it's Flag Day, I thought it would be a fun assignment for you all to design your own flag. Like pretend the American flag never existed and that you're Betsy Ross designing a flag for America. Now keep in mind, students, there's 50 stars on our flag to represent the 50 states. And there's 13 stripes on our flag to represent the 13 original colonies. Keep that in mind.
Oh man, guys, it's gonna be so much fun. What's your flag gonna look like, Joseph?
Oh, dude, I know how to fix America. All they gotta do is put me in charge.
Well, I got big plans for mine. Big plans.
Really?
Oh yeah, my noodle is rattling.
Well, don't copy off me, guys, because my flag is gonna be crazy.
Nobody's gonna copy off you, Mikey.
Oh, I know which one I want to do. It's going to be insane. So, Cody, who's Betsy Ross?
She made the American flag.
She's made every single American flag?
No, she just made the first one.
Oh, so doesn't she make, like, cooking pots?
No, that's Betty Crocker, not Betsy Ross.
Oh, so she had, like, a cooking show?
No, that's Rachel Ray. It's not even close.
So then who had the talk show?
That's Oprah Winfrey.
So what did Betsy Ross do?
She made the first American flag.
Then why can't Aunt Jemima make syrup anymore?
That's what I'm saying, dude. Nobody's talking about that. Show my girl some respect. Put on a 50-cent piece or something.
What time is it? Time's up, class! I'm gonna call you up one by one to present your flags in front of the rest of the class.
Oh, Mommy, can I show mine first?
Yes, Patrick, come up first.
Yay! Okay, Mommy, I made this super cool Spider-Man flag.
Oh, dear God, Patrick, why did you choose the red background and the white circle? I mean, where's blue for Spider-Man?
You said time was up. I didn't have time for blue.
Well, honey, I think your flag might hurt some people's feelings.
Who, the Green Goblin?
Yes, it might hurt his feelings, so we should throw your flag away.
But it's Spider-Man.
I know, but you should go sit down and throw your flag away.
Do I pass?
Yes, you get an A for effort.
Yay, Spider-Man!
Bully, why don't you come up next?
All right, Teach. I wanted to make a flag that strikes fear into the hearts of nerds.
Oh, well, what does this represent?
It represents me taking your lunch money. See, that's my fist, and that right there is your lunch money, and that's me taking it.
Well, that's not very nice, Bully.
I don't give a shit. I want to live in a country where people give me their lunch money, and I currently do.
Okay, why don't you go sit down?
Okay, but first, give me your lunch money.
What?
Give me your lunch money!
Oh, okay, just leave me alone. Go sit down. Oh, who's next?
I'll go next.
Oh, Freddie, now that's very interesting. Why don't you tell us about your flag?
So I put a poop on my flag because that's what I do with my pants. And the yellow represents pee because that's what I also do with my pants.
Freddie, that's disgusting! Oh, I'm so sorry, Freddie. I didn't mean that. I mean, maybe we should work on potty training this year.
Okay.
Okay, why don't you go sit down? And, Annabelle, why don't you come up next? All right, Annabelle, let's see what... Oh, dear God, what is going on here? I love my boyfriend? Oh, okay, well, what does this have to do with America? My boyfriend lives in America, and I love him. Okay, Annabelle, why don't you just go sit down? Cody, why don't you come up next? Oh, wow, Cody, now that's a nice flag. Good job.
Thank you. I think it speaks for itself.
It certainly does. There's so many colors. What, you couldn't decide which one was your favorite?
What do you mean?
Well, it's just so colorful. You have so many different colors.
Well, yeah, you know what month it is, right?
Yes, it's June.
Yeah, and what's special about June?
Oh, I get it, Cody. It's summer. These are all the colors you see in summer. And sometimes you see rainbows in summer, too.
Yeah, a lot of rainbows. More than normal, actually.
Well, this is just great, Cody. Good job.
Yeah, it's the pride flag.
Oh, you are so proud of your flag. I love that, Cody.
No, I mean, it's the LGBTQ flag.
Cody, that is not how you say the alphabet. Go sit down. This is why you're in summer school.
God damn it, I hate it here.
Mikey, get up here and we'll get you over with.
Mine's the best!
Oh, dear God, what is going on here?
I drew a picture of me crying because my dad won't stop drinking.
Mikey, you were supposed to draw a flag.
But this is a flag!
You were supposed to draw a flag that represents America.
Well, I live in America, and my dad won't stop drinking, and there's a lot of people in America who have the same problem.
Well, I guess you're right, Mikey. Good job. Go sit down.
Yay!
Junior, come up here next.
Oh, man, she's gonna love mine.
Oh, wow, Junior, look at that flag. Why don't you tell us about it?
Okay, so I drew a dinosaur holding a cheeseburger on a McDonald's rocket flying through space.
That's truly amazing, Junior. Now, can you tell us why that represents America to you?
Well, I'm pretty sure 100 million years ago, dinosaurs lived in America.
Well, Junior, 100 million years ago, America didn't exist.
But the land that makes America existed, and I'm pretty sure a few dinosaurs stepped on this land.
Okay, I see your point. Continue.
And America invented McDonald's, and we also have rockets, and we have cheeseburgers, and we also have been to space.
Well, Junior, I think you have the best flag so far. Good job. Go sit down.
Yeah, suck that, Betsy Ross, and your cooking show.
Okay, Joseph, why don't you come up here next?
I'm gonna show you how America really supposed to look.
Oh, wow, Joseph. Now that's an interesting flag.
Yeah, this is how the American flag's supposed to look.
Oh, well, why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, see, the American flag was a little too white for me. It was 50 white stars, 6 white stripes. We had to throw a little color on that bit. Yeah, add some black to that whole. Now it looks good. You know how Black is superior. We make the best food, the best music, and we have the best athletes.
Oh, yeah, that's very true, Joseph. You make some excellent points.
Yeah.
Good job. Why don't you go sit down? All right, I think that's everybody. Oh my, that's an empty desk. Oh, do we have a missing student? Oh, I better call Principal Steinbeck.
Huh, I wonder who the missing student's supposed to be.
Principal Steinbeck? Yes, I noticed there was an empty desk, and I was wondering if someone was skipping summer school.
Flag on the fucking play! Is someone skipping summer school?
Principal Steinbeck!
Oh, who's skipping my class? Did you say someone's skipping my class? No one skips my class.
Well, there's an empty desk in the corner!
Empty desk? Who is it?
I don't know, let me check the roll! Hey, Jeffy! The student's name is Jeffy!
Jeffy!
Oh, Mervin, I'm so excited to go to Hawaii for summer vacation and learn how to surf.
Yeah, I can't wait to get sunburn on my bald head.
Oh, coconut tits.
Jeffy, don't say stuff like that.
Well, that's what they do. They put coconuts on their tits. I don't know why they do that. Oh, almond joy dick, covered in chocolate with coconut in the center. Shit.
Jeffy, stop saying stuff like that. I don't understand how you pass school by being that dumb.
Well, I did, Daddy. Take a look at my report card again. All A's.
Yeah, I see the all A's. We understand you're really smart. Let's just go to the airport.
Jeffy! Where are you?
What was that noise?
Sounds like someone broke in.
Jeffy!
Wait, Jeffy, isn't that your principal from school?
Yeah, he probably came by and said that I did a good job getting all A's on my report card.
Your son is skipping summer school. No one skips my summer school!
Wait. Jeffy doesn't need to go to summer school. Look, he got all A's on his report card.
Wait, let me see this. You really can't see this? He changed his F into an A with a crayon!
Wait, he didn't do that. Wait a minute. Oh, you goober! You goofball! You pulled a fast one on me!
Guilty as charged on the fast one.
Oh!
What about our vacation?
We can't go because look at this goober!
Well, first of all, I say we still go on vacation because I'm 19 and fuck that noise.
No, it's against the law. You can't skip my summer school class.
Well, the law can suck the all-encompassing area betwixt my ballsack and my asshole.
You're going to summer school! Come on!
Oh my god!
Get in there! I don't think you guys heard me the first time. No one gets to skip my summer school class. The next one that tries, I guarantee you, I will hunt you down like a tiger and kill you with my own paws. You got that? Perfect. Thank you. Get back to class.
All right, class. Well, that does it for our first day of summer school. And you heard the principal. None of us get to skip summer school. Not you and not even me. So I guess I'll see you Monday and the day after that and the day after that and all summer long.
Wow, guys, the first day of summer school wasn't bad. We got to color all day.
Yeah, pretty chill, dude.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
Mikey, you little bitch! Let's get up his ass! Yeah, this eye block, bitch! Yeah!
Hey, Jeffy.
Okay, it's okay. We can be a canine unit. Just get in the car.
What happened to your legs?
What do you mean? I've never had legs.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask that.
Yeah.
Jeffy, get in the fucking car.
I was sniffing your butt for drugs, Daddy. Gee.
So, guys, are you ready to watch TV?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Wait, have you guys seen the remote?
No, I don't see it, dude.
Cody, have you seen the remote?
Nope.
Are you sitting on the remote again, Cody?
Yeah.
Get it out.
Okay. Can you give me a tug?
Oh, it's really in there.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. It's stuck in there. Hey, Joseph, can you help me?
No, dude, I'm not touching that.
Joseph, I need your help. Help me pull it out.
Oh, okay.
Cody, stop sitting on the remote.
Sorry.
No, turn on the TV. I don't want to touch that.
Okay.
You're watching Most Dangerous Wipeouts.
Oh, this guy thinks he's doing a trick. Oh, no kits for you. All right, this guy's doing a little bicycle ride and oh, get wrecked, loser. Oh, what's this? What's this little bicycle race? Okay, everybody jump over the barriers. Oh, but not this guy. He thinks he's real cool. Oh, what does the dirt taste like?
Whoa! Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah! Give me that remote. Let me put Nice.
Cody, stop trying to sit on the remote.
Okay.
I was thinking that we can record us doing something dangerous and then we can send it in so we can be on TV.
Like sit on the remote?
No.
That sounds awesome, but what will we record?
We can record us grabbing a pair of scissors and cutting our uvulas off.
Oh, sick.
No, that would hurt.
Well, we don't need our uvulas.
Yeah, I don't need mine.
Yeah, just look at it. It's just sitting there hanging, wanting to be cut out.
No, we need those. We can't cut those off.
Okay, fine, Cody. We'll do something safer. Ooh, I know. Let's grab a hammer and try to bash our fingers with it.
Ooh, awesome.
No, that's not cool. That would just be painful.
Little bitty baby Cody doesn't want to do anything dangerous. So how about we do something really safe? Like, ooh, Joseph, you could ride a bicycle off my roof.
Now that sounds awesome.
Yeah, dude, I could totally pop a wheelie.
Yeah, okay. So Cody, you grab the cam.
I got the cam.
I'm gonna get the bike, dude.
Oh yeah, you get the bike.
Oh, dude, I'm so ready.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Hey, Cody, are you recording?
Oh yeah, I'm recording. He's gonna get some wicked air.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Now, dude, are you sure I'm not gonna get hurt?
You're not gonna get hurt, Joseph. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, on the count of 3, you're gonna go, right? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, sick!
Oh, dude!
That looked awesome, Joseph.
Cody, did you get it?
Oh, it looked boss, Junior.
Oh, show it to me.
All right.
Joseph, shut up. I'm trying to watch the video.
I think Joseph's hurt, Junior.
Joseph's not hurt.
I think you should call a doctor.
Okay, I'll call a doctor after you show me the video.
Okay.
Okay, so your friend here broke every bone in his body.
What?
Oh, no.
Yeah, see, I voice both characters, so this is what you're gonna get. Anyway, like I said, your friend here broke every bone in his body.
Well, what's that mean?
Well, it means he broke both his arms, both his legs, his ribs are destroyed, and his spine is snapped in half.
That's so rad.
Yeah, you know what's even more rad? He doesn't have health insurance because apparently he's been living alone because he doesn't have parents, and that means I can't treat him, and that means he's probably gonna die.
Well, how much are his medical bills?
About $50,000.
Well, it was nice knowing you, Joseph.
Junior, we have to help him.
All right, this is not going to work, Switch.
Junior, we have to help him.
See, that's a lot better. But Cody, we cannot pay his medical bills. They're $50,000.
We have to do something, Junior. It's our fault he went off the roof in the first place.
I guess you're right, but how are we going to get $50,000?
I don't know, but we have to help him somehow. It's our responsibility.
So, who's gonna pay his medical bills? Brooklyn Thief Guy wants to know,
All right, no, y'all switch.
Okay, so who's gonna cover his medical bills?
Me and my friend Cody are going to try to raise the money. You just have to give us some time.
Okay, but you only have 24 hours. Dun, dun, dun!
All right, come on, Cody. Let's go try to raise the money.
Okay.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What do you want, Junior? I'm trying to cook.
Can we borrow $50,000?
$50,000? Junior, I've been working for your dad for 10 years and I haven't been paid $20. What makes you think I have $50,000?
Well, Joseph broke every bone in his body and he doesn't have medical insurance.
I don't have medical insurance and I'm perfectly fine.
Well, Joseph has $50,000 in medical bills, and if we don't pay it in 24 hours, he's gonna die.
Is this the part where I get sad or something?
Well, it's also kind of our fault because we made him go off the roof on a bicycle.
Yeah, it was rad.
God, that does sound rad. Well, how are you gonna raise the money, Junior?
I don't know. That's why we came to you for the money.
Look, if I knew how to raise that money, I would be doing it right now.
Oh, well, we could try washing cars.
No.
Yeah, they don't want you touching their cars with your dirty fingers. Look, they have machines that do that.
Oh.
Oh, I know. We could have a big sale where we sell cookies for the money.
Yeah. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, you can make the cookies.
Oh, yeah, because I'm not doing anything. I can totally cook for you right now.
Yeah, you're not doing anything. Oh, okay, so all we have to do is make like 10 cookies.
Junior, we'd have to sell a lot more than 10 cookies.
Yeah, you have to sell like a truckload, like a shitload, like, just stop me at any time.
No, we can just sell 10 cookies for $5,000 a piece.
Well, Junior, no one's gonna pay $5,000 for a cookie.
Bill Gates would.
We're not selling to Bill Gates.
Warren Buffett.
No.
Jeff Bezos.
Okay, he's too busy going to space.
Okay, fine, we'll lower the price. But Chef Pee-Pee, are you gonna make the cookies?
What do I get out of it, Junior?
We'll give you half of everything we make.
That's a deal, damn it. Shake on it. I'll get the making.
Why would you do that, Junior?
He's gonna make the cookies now.
No, now we have to raise $100,000.
No, we don't. We only have to raise 50.
Junior, you just told Chef Pee-Pee we would give him half of anything we make.
Yeah.
If we only raise $50,000, then he only gets $25,000 and we only get $25,000, and that's not enough to pay off Joseph's medical bills.
Joseph's medical bills are only 50, so we only have to raise 50.
No, Junior, we have to raise $100,000 because we have to be able to afford to pay Chef Pee-Pee.
You don't know what you're talking about, Cody. Just make the cookies.
All right, the first batch is done.
Oh, these cookies look look amazing.
I know.
I'm gonna try one.
No, Junior, we have to sell those.
Well, I have to make sure they taste good.
Well, we're not gonna sell any if you eat them all.
I have to make sure they don't taste like butt.
Why would they taste like butt? I cooked them myself.
Well, what if you like fart in them or pee in them?
Why would I pee in them? I cooked them myself.
Well, look, I'm gonna try one.
Okay, I think we should all try one.
Well, okay, well, I'll try one each.
Well, no, I'm saying we all try the same cookie.
I'm not gonna eat after you, Cody. You eat butt.
Well, that may be true, but we shouldn't waste a cookie.
I'm still gonna try one.
Why you two argue? I'm gonna put this batch in the oven.
Oh, can I put it in?
No, I can put it in by myself.
I wanna put it in.
No, Julia. No, Julia.
I wanna put it in.
Why would you close it? Get him out of there.
Because I'm trying to make the cookies.
Just open it up and get him out.
Oh, I can't open it.
Oh, God, let me help you.
Shut me up. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Alright, your friend Chef Pee-Pee here has third-degree burns all over his body except for right between his eyes, and he doesn't have health insurance either, so his medical bills are going to be another $50,000.
Junior, this is all your fault.
Switch.
Junior, this is all your fault.
How is it my fault?
If you hadn't pushed Chef Pee-Pee into an oven, we wouldn't have this problem.
Well, maybe Chef Pee-Pee should have let me put the cookies in the oven.
Junior, now we owe $150,000.
Look, everything's gonna be okay. Look, you can bake the cookies and I'll sell them.
All right, fine, I guess.
So, am I gonna get my monies or not?
Why does he sound like that?
Look, the voice actor can't play both characters. Look, just come on.
All right, Junior. You sell those cookies while I make these.
Do you even know how to make cookies, Cody?
Well, it doesn't seem that complicated. I could probably figure it out.
All right, Chef Cody.
Ooh, I like that. I like the sound of that.
All right, I'm gonna sell all these cookies and make a bunch of money.
Yeah, you better. You better make $150,000.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, Roy.
Ew, why are you talking to me, loser?
Well, I was just wondering if you wanted to buy some cookies.
Buy cookies? I don't buy anything. Things are just given to me. You know, one time I went to a Super Bowl and I didn't have to pay for anything.
I know.
Then why would I buy your stupid cookies?
Well, I'm just trying to raise some money and I want to know if you wanted to buy some.
No. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna take these cookies. These are mine now.
Well, you have to pay for those.
No, Roy doesn't pay for anything.
You're right.
Wow, these cookies look pretty good.
Hey, Cody.
Oh, hey, Junior. You sell any cookies?
I actually sold the whole batch.
Really? That's amazing. Who bought all those cookies?
Roy.
So you didn't get any money because Roy doesn't pay for anything? Unless a girl bought them for him. Did that happen?
No.
So why would you even sell to Roy in the first place, Junior? You know he doesn't pay for anything.
But he has a Rolex, so I thought he had money.
Yeah, I know, Junior. That's what the Rolex is for. So you think he has money, but he doesn't. That's why he has 3 baby mamas.
Okay, look, I'll be more careful next time, Cody. I'll only sell to people who have money.
Well, good, because we can't afford to keep losing cookies.
What's wrong with these cookies?
What do you mean? There's nothing wrong with them.
What's all this stuff on top of them?
What do you mean, sprinkles?
Yeah, well, why?
Well, I had to gay it up a little bit.
We're supposed to be making chocolate chip.
People like sprinkles.
No, they don't. It's like toothpaste and orange juice.
What are you talking about? That has nothing to do with this.
You know what I think about these cookies?
What? Junior, you idiot! What did you do? We needed those cookies!
Yeah, you know what? That's what I think about your dumb, stupid cookies, you nerd. What? Are you okay?
Junior, where are my glasses?
Oh no, they're broken on the ground over there.
But Junior, you broke my glasses! I need those glasses to see!
Well, I'm over here.
What?
I'm over here.
What, Junior? I don't know what to do now. I can't see. You destroyed one batch of cookies. You gave another batch of cookies away, and I don't know what to do. Now we're still $150,000 in the red.
Okay, look. I'll bake the cookies and you can sell them.
Well, I can't sell them because I can't see.
You can see.
But I can't. Junior, don't tell me what I can and cannot see.
Oh, okay, look. I'll bake the cookies. I've watched Chef Pee-Pee bake cookies for years, so I know how to bake cookies. You can try to sell them. All right, look, we can make this work.
Are you sure you know how to make cookies?
Oh, look, you can come watch me. Come try to watch me make cookies.
I can't watch anything because I can't see.
Then come supervise me or listen.
I don't know how I'm gonna. Fine.
All right, Cody. Are you ready to watch me make the best cookies ever?
Junior, make the cookies good.
I'm over here.
Over here?
That's good enough.
Junior, just please make them right.
I know how to make cookies, Cody. I've been making cookies for years. I'm the cookie master. I can make cookies in my sleep.
Just shut up and do it.
Okay, the first ingredient I need is, I need an egg.
Okay, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Sure.
And, I'm gonna just, like that.
Junior, what was that?
That was me cracking the egg for the yolk for the cookies.
Okay.
Yeah, I need another egg.
Okay.
I'm just gonna, like that.
Okay, 2 eggs.
Yeah, I'm doing that, and I think I need another one.
I don't know that seems like kind of a lot of eggs.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
No, I don't think you're supposed to do. Junior, you're not just throwing eggs at the pan, are you?
No.
Oh, good, because that would be the stupidest thing you could possibly be doing.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's not what I'm doing.
Well, good, because that would be really dumb.
All right, so I think I'm almost done.
Really? Are you sure? Because it seems like you just put eggs in it so far.
Oh, you think I should add something else?
Yeah, probably.
Hold on. I think I know what I need. Where is it? All right, I got it.
Junior, what is that squirting noise?
Your mom?
No, I'm serious, Junior. What is that?
It's the chocolate syrup.
Why?
I'm making the chocolate chips.
People don't usually make their own chocolate chips.
Well, I do. I'm the king of chocolate chips. I make the best homemade chocolate chips.
You're using the entire bottle, I guess.
I really like chocolate chips.
It smells like tomatoes.
It's tomato based.
That's okay.
Chocolate chips.
I mean, if you say so.
It's ready to go in the oven.
What? Really? That seems kind of fast.
Yeah. All right, Cody. The cookies are done.
Junior, where do they smell like throw up?
Hey, I didn't insult your cookies.
No, you just threw them on the floor.
Oh yeah. Well, my cookies are cool. They're red.
Junior, why are the cookies red?
Because I added a secret ingredient.
Junior, what's in these cookies?
I'm not gonna tell you. I don't mean to steal my recipe. Just try them.
Junior, I'm not gonna taste any red cookies unless I know what's in them.
Look, trust me. They're really good. They're edible.
Oh yeah, they're edible. That's very reassuring. Junior, what the hell is that?
It's ketchup.
Ketchup? Junior, why would you put ketchup in the cookies?
Because I want them to be red and have like pizzazz.
Why do they taste so much like egg? And why are they crunchy?
That might be the eggshells.
What, eggshells? Junior, why the hell? Junior, how am I gonna sell eggshell and ketchup cookies?
Oh, you can just tell people that none of the competition can catch up, and the competition is walking on eggshells.
Okay, that's actually pretty good. I might be able to work with that. Okay, look, I'll try to sell these cookies. You just make some more, but please, Junior, just follow the instructions. No more ketchup cookies.
Okay, no more ketchup cookies. I'm gonna go try to find some help.
Okay. Excuse me, sir or madam. I'm selling cookies to help my two friends who were horribly injured earlier today. We need to raise a total of $150,000, and so far we haven't raised any yet. So if you could just please buy some cookies, that would be a very big help. Thank you.
Cody, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to this nice gentleman in front of me, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna buy.
That's a lamp, Cody.
It's a lamp. Damn it! Junior, I can't do this. I can't see, you can't cook, and I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh, Cody, calm down. I have 8 batches of chocolate chip cookies ready to sell right now.
Really? 8 batches?
8 batches.
No ketchup?
No ketchup. They're perfectly fine.
Well, I gotta see this.
Yeah, come on. All right, Cody, don't worry. All our problems are solved.
That'd be really good, Junior.
All right, look, I went to the store and I bought cookies already made, so we don't have to worry about making them.
You bought cookies?
Yeah.
And how much did the cookies cost, Junior?
Maybe about $100.
$100! And where did you get the money, Junior?
I borrowed it from my dad.
Great! That's just great! So now we owe $150,100!
Look, calm down, Cody. All we have to do is sell these cookies. It's easy.
No, Junior! It's not easy! Nothing has been easy! None of this is easy! I can't see, you can't cook, now we owe even more money, and who knows how much money it's gonna cost to replace my glasses! Junior, we have more debt as kids than the average adult!
Cody, just calm down and eat some cookies.
Junior, you idiot! You keep ruining this! Why are you doing this?
Come on. Look, I know somebody who will buy all these cookies.
Junior, who? Who would be so stupid to pay that much money for cookies? They'd have to be a real goofball.
Well, look, I know. Look, just follow me. I know who's gonna buy them.
Junior, who is this guy?
He likes cookies. Excuse me, sir. We don't want to bother you, but we're selling cookies, and we want to know if you wanted to buy some.
I like cookies.
What you do? Well, we're selling cookies.
Oh, what flavor are they?
They are chocolate chip.
All right, let's try one. Oh, I like them.
What, you don't?
No, but how much you looking to get on these cookies?
$150,000.
$150,000? Well, that's exactly what I got right here.
Junior, we need that money.
Oh, we're gonna get it. Where'd you get all that money from?
Oh, yeah, my daddy's a tooth fairy and the Easter bunny. I got a pretty cool daddy.
That's really awesome. Well, we really need all that money for these cookies.
Actually, I was thinking more along the lines of $10,000.
We can't sell them for $10,000.
What? No, Junior, that's a great deal.
No, I spent $100 on those cookies. I'm not selling for $10,000.
That's still a huge profit.
I can get more. How about $30,000?
No, I can't do that. How about $50,000?
No, I don't want 50.
Take the deal.
No. How about 70?
How about $100,000?
No, not 100,000. How about 130?
No, I can't do 130. How about $149,999.99?
No, 150 or we're leaving.
What, Junior, that's only 1 penny off. I have a penny in my pocket.
No. We want 150,000 or no deal. Bye. All right, bye.
No, Junior, come back. We can do the deal.
No, he'll be back.
No, he won't, Junior. This
Don't
is a
forget
great
that.
deal. Junior, you idiot. We were only 1 penny away from not having any problem.
Don't worry, Cody. He's gonna come crawling back to buy our cookies.
No, he's not, because he didn't even like the cookies.
Me like cookie.
Damn it, Junior, you let Cookie Monster in the house?
I didn't think he was gonna eat our cookies.
His name is Cookie Monster, Junior. Of course he's gonna eat the goddamn cookies.
Oh, Cookie Monster, shoot, get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, he ate all the cookies.
I give up, Junior. I don't know what to do anymore.
Who's that?
I can't even imagine.
Who could that be?
Cookie.
Oh, damn it, Junior, you let him back in the house.
Cookie.
The Cookie Monster, get out of here.
Move, I got him. Stop eating our cookies, you bastard. Get out of here. I hate that guy.
Yeah, me too.
Oh no, not again.
Oh, okay, if it's a Cookie Monster, you hit him with that.
I'll hit him. All right, Junior. You open the door and I'll hit Cookie Monster with this rolling pin.
All right.
Take this, Cookie Monster.
Congratulations! You just won $149,000 for your entry into the world's most dangerous video contest.
Oh my God, Junior, all of our problems are solved.
No, it's not. We need 150,000. We don't want it.
Junior. I'll take that money, please.
All right,
we
congratulations.
We definitely want all of this.
It's good to have you back, Joseph.
Yeah, dude, it sucked breaking every bone in my body, but at least I'm back, right?
Yeah, it was really hard raising all that money.
Ugh, don't even talk about it.
So, guys, what do you want to do now?
I don't know, dude.
Ooh, I know. You want to go lay down on the interstate and see if cars hit us?
Dude.
Boss, Junior.
Let's go!
Dude, I can't believe Junior broke every bone in his body.
Yeah, let's go make some cookies.
Yeah, I'll get the ketchup.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you found me another Dalmatian puppy to kill yet and use its fur for me knickknacks?
No, ma'am, but don't you think you've killed enough Dalmatians? I mean, you've literally killed 100.
And I need to kill one more. The movie is called 101 Dalmatians.
I mean, yeah, I got it, but like, I don't think anyone would know that you haven't killed 101 Dalmatians. I mean, this is a lot of fur. If the police ever came here and found out that you killed 100 Dalmatian puppies, you would be facing 100 counts of animal abuse. You would make Michael Vick look innocent.
And you've helped me do it, didn't you?
Well, yeah, but money will make you do some crazy things.
Look, are you gonna help me get the last Dalmatian or not?
I really don't want to. I mean, screw it. What's one more at this point, right?
Now go get me last Dalmatian. Go quick.
What, are you in that much of a hurry to kill one more Dalmatian puppy?
Go now, Jasper.
Alright, I mean, you're sick in the head, you know that, right?
Get out of here.
I mean, you seriously need some counseling.
Jasper, go!
Hey, Daddy.
What? What was that about?
George Bush made me do it.
Jeffy, go throw your paper airplane somewhere else.
Okay. This chicken Alfredo bussin'. Ooh, but wait right here, chicken Alfredo, because you know me. Chef Pee Pee gotta take out his pee pee to go pee pee. You know what I'm talking about? Don't move at all, baby. Yeah. Oh, sorry, chicken Alfredo. I was playing with it a little bit. You know, jiggling and stuff. Oh my God, a fire! Somebody call the fire department! It's a fire!
Relax, everybody. The fire department is here. There you go. I put out the fire. No, down, boy, down. Well, I didn't mean stop. I actually just meant lower. Does anybody have a jar of peanut butter? I'm about to act up.
Wait, what's going on in here?
I put out the fire in the kitchen.
Why was there a fire in the kitchen?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I was cooking chicken Alfredo, then I had to go to the bathroom to play with myself a little bit. Then came back in here and my chicken Alfredo's on fire.
Well, there is a piece of paper in the pan.
Oh no, Jeffy.
Wait, what the hell did Jeffy do?
He was playing with a paper airplane. I think he threw it in the pan.
Oh, damn it, Jeffy!
Well, that means I'm gonna have to give you a stern talking to. No fires in the house. That's right, boy.
Who's that?
Oh, this is Puppo, the firefighting Dalmatian. We dressed him up like a firefighter, isn't that cute? Don't you just love putting animals in people clothes? I mean, he hates it, but I think it's adorable. And the bitches love it. They're like, oh, what's his name? And I'm like, oh, what's your phone number? Maybe I can bring him by your house later and do some other things.
Why'd you hire a Dalmatian for the fire department?
Well, Dalmatians have been going endangered lately for some reason. A lot of kidnappings of Dalmatians, so we figured if we give him a job, I can keep an eye on him. Although, a firefighter is a pretty dangerous job. He's going through your pantry right now. Yeah, I think he's looking for some chocolate. He just wants to end it. Oh, good boy, Puppo. Where was that bathroom you were talking about?
What?
Never mind, we're gonna go do it in the truck.
Where am I gonna find a Dalmatian at this time of night?
Okay, Puppo, no biting this time. Let me just get the lid off this jar. Ooh.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Is that a Dalmatian?
Yep, it is.
Can I take your Dalmatian for a walk?
What? No, the fuck? Get out of here, you weirdo.
Well, I've always wanted a Dalmatian and I've never seen one before.
Well, there you go. Now you've seen one. Now get out of here.
Look, I really need to take that Dalmatian for a walk.
Look, the only way you're seeing me or my Dalmatian is if there's a fire.
Wait, so you're saying if I go and start a fire, that you and that Dalmatian will show up?
Yeah, with half a jar of peanut butter.
But that's a whole jar of peanut butter.
Exactly.
I got it. Oh man, I really hope this works.
Hello?
Good afternoon, sir. I was just wondering if I could come inside and cook dinner in your kitchen.
The fuck? No!
What's going on, Hank?
This weirdo wants to come inside and cook dinner in our house. I told him no, so handle it. I gotta go take a wicked dookie.
I'm so sorry. What was it that you wanted?
I was just wondering if I could come inside and
Oh
cook.
my God, I love your accent. Where are you from?
The UK?
Oh, well, I've always wanted to be with a European man. You can come inside the house and do whatever you want.
But isn't your husband in the bathroom?
Oh, well, he takes a long number 2, so I will be in the bedroom getting ready.
All right. All right. Let's get this party started.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm starting a fire in your kitchen, little girl.
Why are you doing that?
Because I have to steal a Dalmatian.
That doesn't make any sense.
You might want to step back. Oh no, fire! Someone come help.
Hey there, somebody called the fire department. This better be an emergency.
Oh no, fire! Get over here!
Wait, hey, get back here with Sucko! I mean Puppo! Swiper, no swiping!
No.
Swiper, no swiping!
No.
Swiper, no swiping!
Oh man!
Come here, Puppo. Why are you trying to steal my Dalmatian?
Because I work for Cruella de Vil! Well, a girl who thinks she's Cruella de Vil, and she's killed 100 Dalmatians, and she wants to kill one more.
Well, Jesus, that sounds like a job for when I'm a cop. Well, you're not gonna steal my Dalmatian!
Oh yeah, we'll see about that!
Well, I'd like to see you try! Again! Come on, Puppo. There's some sick people in this world. Well, I gotta clean off my uniform first. Marvin, you're never gonna believe what happened. Somebody tried to kidnap my Dalmatian.
Wait, like the movie 101 Dalmatians?
Yeah, exactly like that. Somebody thinks she's Cruella de Vil and she's already killed 100 Dalmatians and now she's trying to kill my Dalmatian.
Oh no!
Well, why don't you dress up like a cop and arrest her?
Oh, good idea, Marvin. I should get a different Dalmatian to give her so she kills that one instead of my Dalmatian.
Marvin, that's a horrible idea!
That's not what I said. I said, why don't you go arrest her for killing Dalmatians?
Marvin, you sick bastard. I'm not gonna breed Dalmatians and start a puppy mill of Dalmatians just to give her to keep killing them over and over again. That's terrible.
Marvin, how could you think of something so awful?
That's not what I said. I said... Why don't you slowly torture all the Dalmatians?
Well, Marvin, I can't just dress up like a cop and arrest her. I don't have any proof. Anybody could have killed all those Dalmatians, but if I give her a Dalmatian to kill in front of me, then I could arrest her for killing a Dalmatian.
Well, why don't you just give her your Dalmatian?
I can't give her mine. Mine is specially trained to do firefighter things. There's no way I could train another dog to do that and enjoy it.
Okay, well, how are you going to find another Dalmatian?
Well, on Craigslist, of course. Looky here, Dalmatian for sale, only $35.
That's not a Dalmatian. That looks like an angry dog.
I know, but we could just paint Dalmatian spots on it and nobody would know the difference.
Okay, go get it, I guess.
Well, I was kind of hoping you guys would go get it.
Why us?
Well, because I have kind of a reputation about dogs and peanut butter, so nobody's going to sell me a dog, but they'll definitely sell one to a happy couple like you two.
Okay, what's really going on?
I don't want to play two characters in the next scene, okay? Just go!
Okay, well, can you give us the $35?
Yeah. Okay, here's 40, but bring me back the change.
I can't keep the $5 for gas money since I'm driving to get this dog?
No. No.
All right, baby, this is the house.
Hello! Welcome to Craig's house!
Oh, hi, Craig. We saw your dog on Craigslist.
Yes, isn't it hilarious? My name is Craig, and I posted on Craigslist.
Oh, I get it!
Yes!
Okay, so can we get the dog?
Yes, come on in. He's locked in the room. Okay, he's in here. There he is. There's Mr.
Cuddles. You can pet him if you want to.
Does he bite?
Yeah.
Does he break the skin?
Oh, yeah.
Does he latch on and doesn't let go?
Oh, yeah, he did that to my dad.
Did it hurt him?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, does he have rabies?
Oh, yeah.
Rabies?
Yeah, but he is purebred.
Okay, baby, give him the money.
Okay, here you go.
Do you have change for 40?
No. There you go, Mr. Cuddles.
Tell him to let go! Tell him to let go!
Mr. Cuddles, no biting.
Dear God, make it stop!
Oh my God, I got the stupid dog you wanted! And look, his tooth came off into my leg!
Oh no! Where's the $5?
He didn't give us change!
Ugh, you're gonna ruin a friendship over $5. Well, just so you know, I'm starting a tab on you. You owe me $5.
Get him up! Get him up!
Marvin, quit playing around with the dog. We gotta make him look like a Dalmatian. I'll go get the stuff. Now, does that look like a Dalmatian or what?
Wait, how did you get it to calm down?
Easy. I just hit it with the old horse tranquilizer. It should be out for about 15 minutes.
Why didn't you give him a tranquilizer before he bit me?
Well, I wasn't there, was I? No, I wasn't. But I called the guy who wants to steal my Dalmatian so I can give him this one instead.
Hello, did someone call me?
Yeah, so since you want to steal my Dalmatian, I bought you a different one, so here you go. Kill this one.
Oh, wow, thank you. You made my job a lot easier.
Yeah, just take this one back to your boss and hope she doesn't want to do the sequel, 102 Dalmatians.
Yeah, let's hope not, but knowing that crazy bitch, she probably will.
Well, since this was a successful day, I'm gonna go get some peanut butter and give Puppo here a peanut butter corn dog.
All right, ma'am, here's your 101th Dalmatian.
What the bloody hell is that?
A Dalmatian?
You fucking wanker, that ain't a Dalmatian. It's a regular old mutt in a costume, isn't it?
Well, it looked like a Dalmatian to me with the spots and whatnot.
You're fired. Get out of here.
Oh, I don't care. I already got paid.
God, if you want it done right, you gotta do it yourself. What you doing? Oh, you're an ugly old thing, aren't you?
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Poopy from SML. I do the voice of Cody and Brooklyn Guy and a whole bunch of other people. Did you know we're selling Jeffy pianos right now on smlmerch.com? Yeah, that's right. They make Jeffy noises whenever you press the keys. Listen to that. It's fucking crazy, right? Well, if you want one, you better grab one now, because on July 31st, they disappear forever. Gone. Bye-bye. No more buying them. So you better get one now. Just thought you should know that. So you can do this. Listen to that. Listen to that, Jeffy.
Oh, Marvin, I love decorating the Christmas tree.
I'm just glad we're done. Now! Jeffy, get out of the Christmas tree. You're not a cat.
Marvin, he's just playing.
He's messing up your Christmas tree.
Marvin, did you put Christmas lights up outside?
No, I didn't think we needed to do that this year.
But Marvin, how is Santa gonna know where our house is? He won't be able to see it.
I don't think we have to worry about Santa Claus coming to our house because we have a really bad boy that lives here.
You said Santa Claus isn't coming to our house.
Look what you did.
Okay, I'll go put up Christmas lights later.
No, Marvin, you have to put them up now before everyone gets here for the Christmas Eve party tonight.
There's a Christmas Eve party tonight?
Yes.
Well, no one tells me anything.
Well, go put lights up outside.
Come on, Jeffy, you're gonna help me put up these lights. All right, Jeffy, how do the Christmas lights look?
Shitty.
Well, I didn't say I was good at putting them up, so that'll have to do. Catch me. I said catch me!
My hands don't work.
Jeffy, I hate you. Put the ladder up. Jeffy, don't you drop that ladder.
Howdy, neighbor.
What do you want, Hank?
I just want to come over and tell you that those are the shittiest Christmas lights I've ever seen on a house before.
Well, listen, my wife wanted me to put something up, and that's all we had.
Well, take a look at my house. All nice and symmetrical. Got every color of the rainbow, just about.
Yeah, your house looks nice.
Yeah, every year I win best Christmas lights on a house in the neighborhood. Got a trophy for it, too.
That's real nice.
Yeah, well, anyway, I just want to come over and tell you that I hate your fucking Christmas lights, and you could never put up Christmas lights like I do on my house.
Oh, yeah, well, I'll show him. I'll put up the best Christmas lights in the neighborhood. Jeffy, that is it. Your ass is crowded. Go inside. I'm going to call a professional Christmas lights company to put better Christmas lights up on my house.
Hey, you call a Christmas lights putting up company?
Yes, I did. I need you to put Christmas lights up on my house.
That's your house?
Yeah.
Well, there are already Christmas lights on it, so pay me.
Well, for what? I put those up.
No, I know. Pay me for wasting my time.
Well, no, I need you to put more Christmas lights up on my house.
Define more.
Will you see that house over there?
Sweet goddamn Jesus, those are the nicest Christmas lights I've ever seen! That is a perfect Christmas house. There's not too many lights, not too little. If I was Santa Claus, I would only deliver presents to that house.
Well, I want you to put better lights on my house than that one. I want you to put more lights in that house.
Better than that house? I mean, I could do it, but it's gonna cost you a pretty penny.
How much?
No, I mean like an actual pretty penny. Like a penny that's very shiny and pretty and new, like a pretty penny.
So if I bring you a shiny, pretty penny, that's all I have to pay you?
Yeah, it's either that or $1,000.
I can find a shiny penny. Just hold on.
Okay, I'll wait in my car.
Okay, I'm Ken Schrader, and this is the last lap of the Daytona 500. Oh no, Dale Earnhardt's in front of me. I'll do anything to win. Take this, Dale Earnhardt! Oh, shit. Oh, he crashed right into the wall. Well, I'm sure he'll be fine. These cars are very safe.
Okay, I found the prettiest penny I could find.
Ooh, let me see it.
Here you go.
Okay, well, you could have just handed it to me. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that is a very pretty penny. Ooh, it's a 2023 penny. Very nice.
Yeah, it's shiny.
Yeah, this is a pretty enough penny. I'll do it for you.
Okay, I want you to go crazy on my house.
Oh, yeah, I'll go crazy on it. Just like my ex went crazy on my hog. I'm talking two-handed, double-decker, gawk 6000 sploosh gargler. That's what I would do to your house if your house had a dick. Which it doesn't, so I'm just gonna hang up a bunch of lights.
Oh, okay.
Is that one for me?
No, Jeffy.
Is that one for me?
No, Jeffy.
Is this one for me?
No, Jeffy.
Which ones are for me?
Santa brings your gifts.
I hate all of you.
Marvin, did you finish putting the Christmas lights up?
I'm still working on it.
They look like shit.
Marvin!
Look, I'm still working on it. I just came inside because I ran out of hammers, so I'm trying to grab more nails.
Oh, you're such a hardworking man.
Hey there, I just got done putting up all your Christmas lights. Man, that's hard work. But like I used to tell my ex-wife, my hands look like this so hers can look like hers. Wrapped around another man's wiener.
What?
Yeah, she cheated on me. But anyway, your lights are up.
Marvin, you said you put the lights up.
I did put the lights up. He just drove by and he's trying to take all the credit.
No, you hired me to put up all your Christmas lights. You paid me a pretty penny, too.
Marvin, we don't have that kind of money.
Wow, I didn't know you guys were in such rough shape financially.
No, I didn't pay him a lot of money. I paid him a pretty penny that I found upstairs.
Not my lucky 2023 penny.
That's the one. It was a shiny as shit penny, too.
Okay, that's it. Everyone shut the fuck up. I'll get your penny back.
Yay.
Can I have the penny back?
Well, I mean, I could give it back, but I'm gonna tear all those lights the fuck down like I'm Godzilla.
All right, baby, let me go look at the Christmas lights and see if it's worth that penny.
Okay, but don't look. I want it to be a surprise. So let's go out the back door and walk around the entire neighborhood backwards until I tell you to turn around.
Okay.
Okay, don't turn around yet. Don't turn around. Okay, Marvin, now you can turn around.
Oh my God, you did such an amazing job!
Yeah, that's what a pretty penny gets you.
Oh, you went crazy on it.
Yep, I'm a dirty slut.
Thank you so much. I'm definitely gonna win Best Christmas Lights of the Neighborhood this year.
Well, I hope you do. I'll see you later.
Oh my God, this is so awesome. You see that, Hank? That's what good Christmas lights look like. You can suck my chode.
What the hell? Hey, Marvin, who put your Christmas lights up so good on your house?
I did.
No way you did that good of a job putting your Christmas lights up.
I'm just that MFing good.
I'm Steve Staleberger, and it's cold as hell out here, but I don't know where my jacket is. Anyway, Marvin, I came to give you this trophy for Best Christmas Lights.
No, wait just a darn rootin' tootin' second. Look at my house.
That's nice. But Marvin, your Christmas lights are the best I've ever seen. You've got a gingerbread man, and a Merry Christmas sign, and a snowflake, etc., etc. You can keep your Christmas lights up all year if you want. They're just so gosh darn pretty.
Thank you so much for the trophy. Can you take it inside and show my wife?
Okay.
Suck my chode, Hank.
Fuck you and your chode, Marvin.
I'm sorry, who are you again?
I'm Steve Staleberger. I brought you this trophy.
Why are you in my house?
Oh, your husband told me to bring it to you.
Okay, well, thank you.
Baby, did you see the trophy?
Yeah, Marvin, this creepy old man in the collared tank top gave it to me.
Yeah, we won the Christmas lights competition and we got a trophy for it.
That's awesome, Marvin.
Yeah, I told Hank to suck my chode.
What?
All right, look, you have to go see the Christmas lights. They're amazing.
Marvin, I would love to, but I have to finish setting up for the Christmas Eve party. I'll look at them later.
But you're the one who wanted the lights.
Can I stay for the Christmas party?
Sure.
Oh, goody.
Suck my chode. I'm gonna get you back, Marvin.
Honey, you've been staring out that window for the past half hour.
Because the goddamn inbreds across the street decided to clear out Home Depot and Lowe's of all their Christmas lights, and they won the trophy for best Christmas decoration.
Hank, you don't have to win every trophy.
Yes, I do! That's all I care about!
And what about your wife and children?
I hate all of you! I'm gonna get you back, Marvin, and I'm gonna ruin your Christmas. I'm gonna call the Grinch.
I'm on it. Hello, Mr. Gingerbread Man. I wonder what these plugs do. I should pull them. Oopsie, was that me? Shall I not? Guess not! Let's see what's in the pantry. Ooh, the last can of Who Hash. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, look at all these presents. No Christmas for them. You know what? I'm just gonna take the whole tree.
Marvin, have you seen our last can of Who Hash? Oh my God, Marvin, the Christmas tree's missing!
What are you screaming about?
Someone stole our Christmas tree!
Jeffy, get in here!
What?
Did you steal the Christmas tree?
Hey, where'd Christmas tree go?
Jeffy, don't screw with me. I know you took the Christmas tree.
I didn't take it!
Marvin, someone also stole our last can of Who Hash!
Not the Who Hash. Everyone loves Who Hash.
Oh my God, Marvin, that's the guest for the party. You have to go distract him.
Okay, find the Who Hash.
Okay.
Hello?
Yo, we here for the Christmas party!
My sweater says Happy Lamaka. It's a Hanukkah sweater even though this is a Christmas party.
Yeah, I'm ready to party, man, and get fucked up.
Yeah, I'm already blazed, man.
Ooh, donkey.
All right, guys, everyone just calm down. The Christmas party's not ready yet, so you have to wait outside.
But it's cold as hell out here.
Yeah, we ain't much longer. Come on now.
Okay, come inside, but don't go to the living room.
Oh, I can't wait for the Who Hash.
Let's fucking party, man.
Yeah, let's party. Who wants me first?
Only if you got a wife to trade now. Come on.
Wait, where's the tree, man?
Yeah, what the hell? You gotta have a Christmas tree. Ain't no party without a Christmas tree now.
Where's the tree?
Well, you see, we had a Christmas tree, but it got stolen, so there is no tree.
Well, at least we have Who Hash.
We don't have Who Hash.
I'm fucking leaving.
Yeah, we leaving. What the hell is this? Come on now.
I'm so sorry the party was ruined. Let me call the cops.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey there, I got a call about a burglary.
Yes, someone broke in during our Christmas party.
Wait a minute. You had a Christmas party and you didn't invite me?
I was gonna invite you.
No, you weren't. I was over here earlier hanging up Christmas lights for a fucking penny, which is a favor, by the way, just because I wanted to make a joke, and apparently you didn't even like them because you unplugged them.
I didn't unplug them.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Just tell me your problems. You already hurt my feelings.
Okay, someone broke in and stole our Christmas tree and our last can of Who Hash.
Oh, not the Who Hash. What about your roast beast?
I think he stole the roast beast.
Oh, not the roast beast. Yeah, I think I know who might have done that.
Who?
The Grinch.
The cartoon character?
No. The live-action Jim Carrey Grinch. He hates Christmas and the Who's. You know, I always wondered, are the Who's from the Grinch the same Who's from Horton Hears a Who? Because if they are microscopic like that, how do they know about Christmas? And then the fact that they celebrate Christmas means at some point there was a Who Jesus, and that means that a Who got crucified, and that's pretty dark for a kid's story. And also, I think Whoville is inside a snowflake, and snowflakes melt all the time, so there's a good chance all those Who's are dead now. Anyway, yeah, I think the Grinch stole your Christmas tree.
Can you arrest the Grinch?
No, he has diplomatic immunity here in America. See, he's from Whoville, and that's outside my jurisdiction. But if you know anybody who's mad at you, they might have hired the Grinch to put a hit out on your tree. Do you know anybody mad at you?
Those neighbors in that house over there.
Oh, well, I think we should probably check over there.
Well, can you go without me? I don't want them to know it was me.
No, I want them to know you're a tattletale. Come on. Okay, Marvin, now you get to see me do a scary police knock. Check this out. Open the goddamn door! It's the police! See, when you hear that, you know it's the police.
What do you want?
Excuse me, sir. He says you don't like him, and he thinks you probably hired a Grinch to steal his Christmas tree.
What if I did?
Well, now it sounds like you did, because if you didn't, you would have said, I didn't do that. But instead, you said that, so it's like, what's up? Like, like you're trying to double down on it.
Well, I did.
Oh, well, I didn't think he'd actually admit it. Well, if we can get that Christmas tree back, that'd be great.
All right, since I come get it.
Oh, wow. Well, what a polite criminal, Marvin. Come on.
All right, there it is.
Is this your tree, Marvin?
It looks like my tree. It's missing a lot of ornaments, but I think I saw them in the road.
Okay, great. Let's grab it and get out of here. Wait a minute. What about the Who Hash?
It's over there.
Looking for this?
The Grinch!
Yeah, he's gonna kick your ass.
Someone save us!
Hold on a minute. Santa Claus!
Santa Claus?
What the fuck?
You're not gonna be beating up anybody. You're gonna return that tree and the Who Hash. You know what, Santa Claus? Kiss my ass. Kiss it. Oh, you're very naughty. Put 'em up. All right, man. Yeah.
Kick his ass, Santa!
Come on, Grinch.
Fuck him up!
All right, Santa, where are we going? Where are we going, Santa? Ow! I was unaware that Santa Claus was on fire! Well, if you want it, you got it, sister! Come here! Call me Uncle! Uncle! Call me Daddy!
Okay, I'm not doing that.
You don't mess with Santa Claus!
Yeah, Santa won!
Yeah, but he's pissing on the Grinch. I think we should just get the hash in your tree and go home.
Damn Matt.
Why'd you do all this, Hank?
Well, Marvin, I just couldn't stand the fact that you had better Christmas lights than me.
Well, I hope you learned your lesson. Let's grab our stuff.
Yeah.
Look, baby, I got the tree back.
Oh my God, Marvin, the Christmas tree!
And look, the last can of hash. Let's smoke this shit.
Marvin, how did you do this?
Well, it's all thanks to Santa Claus.
Thanks, Santa!
Don't mention it, guys. Merry Christmas.
All right, guys, we're gonna get blazed on this hash or what?
Come on, Marvin, let's do it all together.
Come on, guys.